Today, we're back with some more Pico Park 2, and this time the levels got even harder. There was a lot of enemies on the map that we had to dodge and make it to the door at the end. Let's see if we can work together to beat it. Okay, when we left off, we completed the entirety of 1 through 6, so now we move on to number 7. Stop and go.
Oh, not this again. Oh, yeah.
Level 1.
Whoop, whoop.
All right, let's see how well we can all do. Wait.
Only 3 people can go.
Only 3 people can walk? What happens if all of us walk?
I'm stealing it. I'm stealing it. I'm stealing it. I'm stealing it.
What if all of us are... Oh!
You killed the miner.
Why bro's stealing it, bro? The miner got to jump.
I'm joking. We got to lock in.
All right, first 3 people.
What happens if we all walk?
No, you can't move if more's moving. You can't move.
Just try.
I can't move.
Oh, you can't. Oh.
Let me move. Let me move.
Okay, so just go in a line then.
Just first 3 people go first.
We're all in this together.
Oh, yeah, I can't move.
Yeah. Okay.
Now next 3.
All right, now us 3.
And the miner.
Yo.
Is my keyboard broken? My keyboard's not working. I can't move. Mia's broke.
No, what?
What's going on with y'all, bro?
I don't know, but I'm going ahead.
Okay.
All right, let them up.
I'm scared.
All right.
Only 3 can move at the same time. That's weird. All right, who wants to go down and get that key?
Ooh.
All right.
Oh, I went with the miner, I guess.
Junior.
I'm going to go on top of Shady.
Oh, it moves back. It moves back.
Yo.
Oh,
Oh gosh. So we got to move. We got to move.
let me move. Zoe, Mia, go.
Oh my gosh.
Go, 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 go. Quick, 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 quick.
Go! Zoe, move!
I couldn't move.
Bro, we were about to slip off.
Nah.
All right. Front squadron, go.
Up top.
Yeah.
Nah, Zoe went to the bottom.
Go as far as you can over. Go as far as you can over.
All right. Fire's getting over.
Okay, come.
Go, go, go.
Okay.
Come.
Hey, I can't move!
Yo, 200 people on top. 200 people on top.
I got the bottom.
Miner's gotta move. Miner's gotta move. I gotta move.
I gotta go!
Oh gosh, no.
I gotta move. Go, go, go. Mia.
Okay, me, Mia, and the miner can be the ones moving.
Yo, you can push me.
Okay.
Everyone get to the front.
Going.
Okay.
Go. Nico's gotta move.
Go, go, go.
I can't move.
Go, Zoe!
Ah!
Just make it past the fan. Go all the way past the fan.
I think we're good. We're not going back any further.
Mia, push.
Go, Zoe, go.
Yeah.
Go, Zoe, go.
Or Nico, push.
Go, go, go. Okay, we made it.
I'm pushing. I'm pushing. I'm pushing.
Oh, thank goodness.
Push, 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 push.
All right, now we need all 3 of them to push that.
Okay, good thing we had 3 up here.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Yeah.
Now we need you guys down here to help.
Oh.
Push! And now we go. Key, go up first.
Okay, that was easy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie though, that might be harder on other levels. It's kind of frustrating.
Not for real. We did it.
Okay, Bougie.
I think we need a front squadron and a back squadron, guys.
You think so?
I think you need to get the donkey sigma out of your mouth.
Word.
I found out when my keyboard wasn't working.
All right, front squadron. Oh!
Oh!
Shady, that is your fault.
Okay, don't jump.
That's my fault?
Yo! I think only one person can move at a time.
I think, yeah. Let's let Shady do it if he's first.
Right. That's my fault, right, Mia?
Okay, now Zoe.
Do-do-do-do.
Okay, now Nico.
Oh!
Jump over my head. Jump over my head.
What was that sound effect?
Oh, my goodness.
Never mind.
We're all gonna go in a line.
No! Why'd you jump?
Oh.
Okay, well, we can't jump.
I need to walk further.
That wakes him up.
Let me move.
That's all I got.
Oh!
Nico?
I almost just fumbled.
Nah, you can't be going out of place.
Maybe it's only jumping.
How do you know?
Is it just jumping?
We're not gonna risk it.
I guess we'll find out.
We could risk it.
No.
Try and risk it just to find out.
No. Should I move?
No.
No, don't move.
Oh, wait. Yeah, no. Don't risk it. Don't risk it. Don't risk it.
Oh, this is what's gonna this is why. Okay, wait. Look. It is jumping. Okay, so we have to figure out how to get the key on the other side.
Can we all move at the same time? Let's try it. Just don't jump. Go.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
No.
Oh, wait. So Shady will grab the key and each of us will inch forward till he's at the door.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just don't get too close to Shady.
Okay, boom.
Zoe,
Stay away from Shady. Boop. I would stop like, yeah.
Nico,
Stay away from Shady.
Miner.
Don't take my life.
You guys can be closer together.
Yeah, y'all can be close. You can't be close to Shady.
Yo, scratch it out, bro. Scratch it out.
I'll let you guys can move. If you guys need to move, Zoe, go first a little bit closer. And then Nico. Yeah. Miner.
Bro, we can see the door like if y'all just moved.
Miner, you can get close to Nico. You can touch him.
Bro, we don't need it to be that close.
Okay, I'm gonna go. 2.
Y'all just gotta move.
There we go.
We need to hurry it up.
Perfect.
Okay, now open it.
I'm going in.
Boom.
Okay, one at a time. One at a time. Don't overcook.
Jump, 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 jump.
Don't jump. Do it. Whatever.
Boom.
Bro, he tried to kill Mia.
And boom. Hey, let's go. Boom. What's he gonna do? He ain't gonna kill us.
All right, I'm moving.
Wait, I can't move. What?
What happened?
Why did my screen turn white?
We just got Thanos snapped. Oh.
Oh, oh.
Oh, you're dead.
I'm gonna die.
We can only move when the screen turns white, I think.
It's like Weeping Angel.
All right, Nico, jump.
God, jumped.
Dude, this is gonna be so annoying.
Dude, yeah.
All right, Miner, jump.
Zoe's gonna die, bro.
Miner, where are you going? You gotta go.
Dude.
Miner, go across the gap.
Dude, go. Oh, wow.
Oh, he fell. Did he fall?
All right, Zoe, your turn.
Just inch it, Zoe.
Oh my gosh.
Please.
Dude.
Nice.
Oh, I made it!
Am I gonna make it? Oh, I made it. What about me? Are you gonna make it?
Oh, no.
Oh, she made it.
Oh, thank goodness!
Okay, now we can go forward a little bit. Watch the gap.
What?
I'm on Nico.
Where do we jump?
We might have to jump down. Oh, nah. We have to staircase.
Oh, we have to make a tower.
You're kidding.
Oh, this is gonna be so hard. All right, Miner, go on top of Shady's head.
I'm on top of someone's head. Oh,
Ouch.
Zoe, be the bottom.
Miner, go on top.
okay.
What is this?
One more up.
Okay.
Okay.
Mia, get off my head. Let me go up the staircase.
Okay, fine. Go back.
Zoe, inch forward a little bit.
Zoe, inch.
Okay.
Maybe yeah.
Okay, now Mia, you come up.
Okay. Give me a moment. Let me.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
Push it real good.
I feel like I'm close. Uh-oh.
Hey, Zoe. Hi.
All right, don't fall off the edge.
Okay, Nico's got to be the jumper.
Hi, guys.
No, I'm not doing that.
You're the jumper, bruh. Mia, get up.
You gotta go up.
I'm trying, bro. I'm scared.
Nico, are you gonna start climbing?
Oh, that. Oh.
Yeah.
Nico, get over here.
Ooh, press the button.
I want you to press it. Bro jumped once. I want you to press it. Nah.
Okay, that's 2.
Bro jumped once again.
1, 2.
Be careful.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Don't slip off.
run.
And run and jump off.
I didn't hear a jump.
Oh, no.
Did he miss? Oh, he made it.
Oh, my gosh.
Go press it.
All right, go. Press it.
Oh.
Oh, okay. We can all go forward. Hey, yeah.
Ow.
Do.
Nice. Let's just keep moving forward. Keep moving.
We gotta be careful though. There could be something else.
Ooh. Oh, we got to get on the platform. All right, everyone get on the platform. Go, go, go. Okay, Zoe, Mia.
Oh, let me jump.
Mia got to move a little bit.
I moved. Hurry up.
All right, Zoe, you got to be the jumper.
Oh, nah.
Or Nico does.
I am not being the jumper.
I got it.
Nice.
Nice.
All right, now we just got to get back up. Make a staircase.
We all have to get off.
All right, everyone just hold right. Everyone hold right.
No, just stop jumping. Stop jumping.
Ooh.
Get back on the platform.
Sorry, man.
Don't jump until we know the platform is at the top.
Okay.
Just wait for it.
Just wait.
Okay, how do we know?
No.
Wait. One more time. Go, go, go.
Oh.
I swear if there's someone down there.
Oh, we made it.
Oh, we did it! We have to get the key to the door. Oh.
Miner has the key.
Miner, just jump over my head. Oh, gosh.
Shady, just grab it from the miner.
Okay.
And then go unlock it.
Zoe needs to move, though.
So we come close.
Okay, the miner still has it. Miner, just jump over all of us and unlock it. Oh, now I have it.
Word.
Oh, we did it.
How'd it end up like that? Oh,
We got it. We did it. We got it.
he did it. He did it.
Let me through.
Hey, and let me in the door. Nah, it's Zoe.
Nah.
Why is it me?
Go. Dude, that level was so difficult.
Well, we didn't die, though.
Oh, my. That was hard.
Okay, number 4. What is this?
No. Okay, this is the one where you have to look at it.
Yeah.
Can we all walk at the same time?
Nico, you got it.
Everyone, come on.
I'm looking.
I'm the looker.
No, just come with us. We'll stop it in time.
Just come. We'll look at it.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, I don't think we can do that.
Oh, we can't.
We can't kill him?
I guess not.
Oh, we have to keep looking at him.
Okay, wait, hold on.
So someone has to stay down here so it comes lower.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right, ready? All look away. All away now.
Let Shady control it.
What?
Oh.
All right, you guys have to be the one that turns around then.
Okay.
Since I'm too close to it.
All right, I'll control it.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Cash, you're the looker.
Oh, you're gonna look?
What? I'm looking at him. I was literally looking at him. He just keeps going.
Maybe more than one person has to look at him.
Oh, maybe everybody. Okay.
Okay, look away.
And now everybody look right as he gets there.
Okay.
All right.
Again.
Again.
Yeah, I think more than one.
Now someone keep looking at him.
I am.
Okay, I think 2 people.
Okay, someone else look at it for me.
All right, we're looking.
Okay, I'm looking on.
I'm looking.
Okay.
How many people have to look at him for him to stop?
Okay, wait, we should be lower. I don't want it to hit the spike on accident.
True that.
Okay, ready? All right, look away.
Oh.
Oh, okay, we get.
Okay, good.
5, 4.
5 seconds.
Wait, what?
What's the timer for?
For what? Nah, miner.
Oh no.
Ooh.
This level is gonna be so hard.
Oh, it's only one because Zoe had to look at it. that.
I think we all have to look away, and then one person has to stay looking.
All right, look away from him.
Oh. Okay, Miner, run.
Yo, back away, Miner.
I'm looking.
And Nico.
All right, someone look for me.
I'm looking.
We're watching.
Okay,
All right, bring him over here.
Wiggle.
shift over.
Miner's looking.
Yes. Okay.
Wiggle him over here.
Okay.
Oh, oopsies.
Don't hop on it.
Wait, don't hop on.
Or hop on. Think about it.
Okay, let's bring him a little closer. So look away.
Okay, who's gonna be the last presser?
Mia.
Oh.
We gotta look away, guys.
I'm not looking.
Come on, guys. Let's look away.
Okay, look away.
Okay, this is good. Now, Zoe, hop on.
Everybody go.
On the thingy?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
On the platform, yes. It's not gonna go. You're good.
Okay.
On the thingy.
And look this way.
Okay, wait. Shade. Should I go?
Just want to make sure, okay?
Yeah.
Yep, just get on. Last person just needs to.
Make a stack. Make a stack on there.
Okay, make a stack.
This is fine.
All right.
I'm looking.
Who wants to go last?
Here, I'll go now.
It's easy. It's 5 seconds. So.
Okay.
Okay. Make sure someone's looking.
I'm looking.
Okay, I'm looking.
All right.
I'm looking.
Ready? Go, Miner.
Okay, we all gotta look away, right?
Okay, don't look away. Don't look away.
Look away. Look away. Look away.
Look away. Look away.
Look away.
Oh,
Look away. Look away.
we gotta look away. Look away.
Let him follow us.
Okay. Look. Go.
Oh, look.
Get off, get off, get off!
Checkpoint.
Checkpoint.
Oh.
Okay. Thank goodness.
Watch out.
Whoa.
We're looking, Zoe. You're good.
Okay.
All right.
We can't let these spikes hit him.
Let's go.
Oh.
Get out of the spike. Ah! Oh my gosh.
We can't let him hit. We can't let him hit. So, guys, go.
Okay.
Mia, come here.
Everyone come back to this side.
There's gotta be room for me to get over there and not get hit.
Come over, Mia. We're looking.
I know, but he's gonna hit me.
No, he's not.
We're looking at him.
Okay.
We're watching.
Just come over now.
Go.
Okay, now don't look away yet.
And then...
All right. And now look away.
Now.
Go.
Yeah. Oh no. Keep look away. Oh no.
Oh.
Ah.
Checkpoint.
Okay, we got a checkpoint. It's fine.
Womp, womp.
Worth a Martin.
All right, this way.
No.
Checkpoint.
Oh, Zoe.
Nobody got me.
My fault.
You Sigma toilet, Zoe. You're a little Sigma toilet.
What's that supposed to mean?
Just move as a group and then look back.
Do, do, do.
Yeah, move as a group and look back.
We don't need someone to hold behind.
Go.
All right, ready? We all go right as it rises.
I'm looking.
Ready? And go. Miner, go, Miner.
What is the miner doing, bro?
Oh.
Okay, now let's all look away and bring him a little closer.
Okay, look away.
Okay, now all of you go up.
Nico, go up the stairs.
Okay.
He's gotta get the key for us.
Okay, now we gotta bring him. No, he's gonna go up.
Yeah, we don't want to go up.
Stay down a little.
Well, I'm the closest person, so
Okay,
I think you might just go lower.
let's bring him a little closer.
All right, ready?
Okay.
All look away. 3, 2.
Nico, ready?
Oh.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, we're good.
Now go up the stairs.
We want this key.
We gotta get him to get the key.
Everybody go up and someone look for me.
Here?
All right, I'll look for you.
Make sure someone's looking.
I'm looking. So we want to be underneath me, but not too low.
I wonder if he can tell that we're looking over the hill.
Can he pick up the thing?
Yeah, he's supposed to.
Here, stand right here where I'm looking.
Yeah, should we just lure him up a little bit? Should we all just stand up there
Yeah, bring him over here.
first
I'm not looking.
and get him higher? Oh my goodness.
He's trying to go to Nico.
Nico, you're too high up.
Okay.
Go lower, right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this should be a good angle.
I'm gonna stop looking.
Okay, Mia, come down just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Look away.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay,
Nice.
bring him over here.
We need him to unlock the door so we can't be by the door.
Well, can we grab the key from him?
Yeah, we can. We just gotta move.
Oh, we can. Yeah. That's pretty smart.
Mia, come here.
Bring him up here then.
Okay.
Here.
Mia, come here.
Where do you want me to go?
Okay, stay there, Mia.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay looking until I know where to go.
Okay, we're all looking. Wait, everybody look at him.
I'll look. Okay, jump on top. Well, everyone's looking, so
Or just go down, Mia. Just go down, Mia. Just go to Cash, yeah. Oh, there you go.
you know.
Okay.
Oh, W.
Here I come.
Wait, but she cooked.
Hey guys.
All right, bring him over.
Okay, everybody look away. Okay.
Oh, okay.
A little more.
Someone get the key.
I'm gonna go try to retrieve it. I'm gonna go try to retrieve it real quick.
Nah, bruh.
Yeah, I think Shady can get it.
Okay, I don't really want to do that.
No. You might jump into it.
Too risky.
Yeah.
Nah, you got it.
Bring him just a little bit.
Hey, wait, Miner, come a little closer. Miner, come a little closer.
We kind of need him to go up towards them.
I'm gonna look away, and then we have to look back instantly. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Get that.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Keep looking.
Okay, I'm walking in.
I'm looking for you. Come in.
We did it!
Let's go.
We didn't do it yet.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
We did it.
Let's go.
He's happy.
Finally.
This level is horrible.
Nah, I'd say 3 was pretty bad.
Now we're on World 8 mini games.
Yes, mini games. I love mini games.
Level 1.
Oh, no.
Not Tetris, please. Not Tetris.
I love mini games.
Hey, what is this?
Oh, we gotta grab the apple.
Do I have to click? Oh, okay.
I played a game like this.
I love mini games.
Oh no.
Oh, I got the apple.
Oh, if we play space, I think it worked.
Wait, what?
Oh,
Okay, space, and you got him.
okay.
Come on, give me the apple.
We have the apples. We have the apple catchers.
Oh, we have to get 21 apples.
Okay.
Nice job, Zoe.
Hey, yo, catch.
Yo, Zoe, eat it, bro.
Give me the apple.
All right, boom.
I've played this game before.
I got the left side.
You know, Miner, you gotta maintain the middle. Miner, maintain the middle.
Boom.
Miner, just stay in the middle. It's okay if some of them fall.
Give me the apple.
All right, boom. Boom.
Nice, Zoe.
Oh, yeah.
Nico, you're going on my side, bruh.
My fault.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, boom.
Miner, I'm going right here.
I couldn't get the apple.
Oh my gosh.
Boom.
Boom.
I'm getting all the apples I can. Boom.
Come on.
3.
Come on.
Oh! We were so close.
No, we were so close. Okay, we know how to play. It's about to be easy.
Who's gonna be the catchers this time? My catcher?
I hope I'm a catcher.
Nah. All right. I got the left side. Don't worry. Mia, you gotta catch them.
I got the right side. I got the right side.
Who's the middle?
That's 1, Zoe. Nice job, Zoe. Nice job. That's 1.
We got this. Let's cook.
Nice job, Zoe. That's 2.
Boom.
Nice job, Zoe. That's 3.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, Mia's missing the apples.
Dude, I move so slow. I move so slow, I swear.
Oh, yeah.
Boom.
Zoe, that's.
Boom.
I can't get the apple.
Zoe, this one. This was Zoe. This one. This one. This was Zoe. This one.
Dude, it's not falling yet. There we go.
We good, bro. We got 9 left with 20 seconds.
Boom.
All right. Boom.
Oh.
Down here, down here.
All right. Boom. 3.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Bro, I can't focus.
Yes.
Hey.
Go, 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 go. The timer's still counting.
Run.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yo, Zoe cooked.
I like that game.
Like, she
That was a quick level.
She was all right, I guess.
was goaded.
She was all right, I guess.
I love mini games.
Okay. Ready?
I love mini games.
Okay. What is this?
Whoa.
I am.
Word.
Oh.
Is this basketball?
Oh, we got to put it in the basket.
Oh.
Oh, you catch the balls and then you shoot them.
Oh.
Hold up. I'm a stone cold shooter.
Boom. Nah.
What?
And I think you click your mouse. No, how do you aim?
Like that. Oh, I got one in.
Boom.
Oh my gosh. We have to get every single one.
Are you serious?
Wait, Mia, back up a little bit.
Find the angle of the cook space and it holds on it, and then you shoot.
Boom.
Bro, this is so difficult.
Okay. Really?
Oh, I got another one in.
Here.
Got one. I got one.
Oh, this is hard.
We got a lot to do. Oh,
I got another one in.
nice job, Miner.
Boom. Oh, I got one.
Yo, let me get some, bruh. I'm like the only one over here that's making any.
That's messed up.
Okay. Geez. I'm just trying to learn.
I'm just talking to the miner. The miner got 6 bullets.
I gotta get over you. I gotta get over you.
Boom.
I got one.
Ugh.
Oh my.
All right. We should all just stay on our side then. Everyone just split up.
Yeah.
I'll take this side.
Oh, wait, that was Nico.
I'll be on the middle.
I'm Zoe. You're a little close to my side. Here.
My bad. I missed the ball.
Boom. Made that. I am. Boom. Oh, I missed that one.
What?
And boom. Oh, made that one. And boom. Oh, I missed that one. Zoe, can you go more to your side, please? You're jumping on me.
I'm trying, but I'm doing buns.
Let me catch this ball.
Yeah.
Boom. All right, the middle basket's done.
Nico's hogging all the balls.
What do you mean, bruh?
I mean, to be fair, I'm not making any. Okay, Shady has like 8 balls. Like, he's getting all of them.
Yeah, no, me too. Me too.
Well, it is raining over here, not gonna lie.
Oh, boom.
Yeah, and I told you on the right side it rained.
Boom.
Dude, this is so difficult.
Come on, come on.
Oh, no.
Oh, we're not gonna make it.
Oh my cheese. Oh my cheese.
We had one on each side.
This is so hard. Oh, come on. I almost had that.
Zoe, you're missing the balls.
Oh, you see that? I got 2. I got this one.
Okay, Bougie.
That's my arc, baby!
That's what I got.
Boom!
Go get Shady in there. Get Shady in there.
Well,
Is this the dagger?
Yes.
Key.
go, 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 go.
20 seconds left. I'm that guy, bruh.
What?
Nico, you shot 0 from 14 from the field, bruh. Bo pulled up and shot 3% from the field.
Level 3.
He's more of a defense.
Oh, apple time.
Oh, I'm a catcher this time.
How do I shoot?
Wait, how do I? Oh, you gotta like.
Oh, you can't catch the bobs. Don't catch the bobs.
Hey, someone hover over the middle for me.
Woo! There's a bomb!
Wait, why are they turning into bombs?
Because you're taking too long.
Bro, this is hard.
I don't like being a shooter. I miss.
I got another one.
We gotta get 20 of them.
Got another one. Hey, someone get these middle ones for me.
Okay,
That's what I'm doing.
Boom. Nice.
Thank you.
Nice.
here we go.
Thank you.
Oh, my cheese. This is difficult.
Mia.
Thank you.
Oh, you just get a bomb from me.
I'm catching all the ones I can right now.
Get that one.
Oh, my gosh.
Get the one up there.
Got that one.
Got it.
Boom.
Got that one.
Got with this left side. Come on.
Oh,
Got that one?
boom.
Dude, what the cheese?
It's so hard. There we go.
Got that one?
Come on. I shot that one. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, we need sides. Someone's got to control left, middle, and right.
I could do middle.
I got middle, Zoe.
Oh, you want middle?
It might switch.
I was doing middle the whole time.
All right. I'm left with Zoe.
Okay, lock in. Give me the apple.
Boom. That's one.
All right, got one.
That's not.
That's three. That's 4.
Got another one.
Yo, chill. That's not 3.
Got that one.
That's 5.
That one.
You're doing too much.
I'm just following the yellow crosshair. I'm going wherever he's
I'm
going.
going crazy right now.
Follow your teammate's crosshair.
Nice, Zoe. Zoe, nice.
Got that one.
Follow my teammate. Okay.
Lock in.
Yes, Zoe!
Yo, we cooking!
Oh,
Dude, we're cooking, bro. We're cooking.
got it.
Come on, Nico, come on.
Got it. Easy.
Done.
Bro, Zoe, we gotta be star players right there.
Let's go.
Yo, MVP.
The team strat worked.
They think they was the MVPs.
That was definitely Shady and I. I think we got like 12 of those.
Y'all didn't see us, bruh. I'm just saying.
Y'all got a whopping 6, bro. I don't want to hear it.
All right.
Oh, not this again.
And there's bombs now.
Oh, dude, I ain't trying to do all this.
The shooters are gonna have to go crazy this game.
All right. I'm going crazy. Don't worry. Ow, Zoe, get away.
Let me not be in the way. Let me not be in the way.
Yo, Mia, what are you doing?
No, I'm not getting in the way.
That's 1 for your boy.
Yeah, get that.
Yeah.
That's 0 for your boy.
That's 2 for your boy.
Oh, Nico, you are buds.
Oh, no.
All right. No, I got it.
Dude, why are you crossing over the middle, man?
What do you mean, bro? It's 3 balls.
It doesn't matter. Don't cross the middle.
Let me stay out the way.
Boom.
Oh, that one's a...
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Boom.
Bomb.
Oh, there's a bomb.
Bro, I'm not the shooter, bro.
That's 2 for your boy. Is this the day?
Yes, that's the dagger. Get it.
Ah!
Get the dagger. Ow.
You guys.
Open the door.
Yo, why is it jumping?
Open the door. Open the door.
Open your door.
Well, that was just like so easy.
That was very easy.
Oh, we could.
Because y'all had Steph Curry on y'all team, bro.
World 9, top-down view. Level 1.
It's always like that when I'm around Nico.
Uh-oh. Are we gonna be upside down?
Wait, what is this?
Button press.
Because you're tidy.
Wait, what?
Oh, it saw you.
Oh, you can't be seen. Okay.
What?
Interesting.
I want to press it.
We all gotta step on a button. Nah.
Wait, are they walking in the dark? Is that what they're doing?
Okay, how'd you get seen?
I think it's just stepping in the light.
Wait, what? Oh, wait. You cannot step on the...
No, I've been stepping in the light the whole time. Look at me. I'm just like
Here, I'm gonna let you guys go and see what's going on.
walking around, pressing buttons.
Oh, I think you can't let the platform hit the...
Yeah, you can't touch the black.
Oh, okay.
So we all just have to step on one, I think. That was going on.
Yo, Mia, you are kinda...
I'm going over here.
Mia, you are nudging on that wall.
Boom.
Okay, and now don't hit the black.
Dead.
Don't hit the black.
Mia first.
Yeah, you guys clear out first.
Me second.
I don't like lines.
Mia, oh my gosh.
Okay.
This is like the scary maze game.
I think your shadow just can't touch it. Like your little ears can.
Oh, okay.
True that.
Oh, we have to lure it.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
So someone go in light.
I'll be the lure.
Mia, get ready.
Okay,
Oh,
someone skilled needs to press the button.
Cash.
No offense, Mia.
Cash.
Oh my gosh, I almost got squashed. Okay, ready?
All right.
Minor, you have to stand on it.
Got him.
Oh!
okay. That was good.
Okay, now get the button.
Glad it wasn't me. I'm gonna be honest.
Okay, I was trying to make sure, bruh.
Oh, wait. We need key guy.
You guys.
Let him go first.
Ooh.
Move. Move.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, move.
Take the key and open the door.
Open your door.
Yo, Minor. Minor, you scare me.
Bro, I swear if one of y'all tickles the wall, it's Jover.
Hey, I'm so good.
9.
That was close.
That was a little scary.
Who else got a little scared there?
Level 2. Okay, what is this? Are we tied together?
I can't move.
Butterflies.
Oh, chain together.
Yes, I like the butterfly.
Give me the butterfly.
Give me one.
Oh, we have to get the butterfly. We gotta keep the butterfly inside the lines.
We gotta make sure it's like a shape.
Oh yeah. You always gotta make a shape. We gotta catch the butterflies.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go.
Okay, can anybody else not move?
I think it's just you.
I'm like stuck in place. I can't move.
Come on. Get this one.
Nice.
Now get the next one.
I think it's because I'm a middle piece.
Yo, Mia, you are out of form.
Mia, come here. Formation.
Stay in your lines.
We got 15 seconds, bruh.
Yo, Shady, bro. What you doing?
Dude, I can't move.
Word.
Shady, bro, what you doing?
Is bro glitched?
Dude, I cannot move.
You gotta click your screen.
Let me get him.
Oh, now I can. Lord.
Let me get him. I think he only takes damage when he touches the line.
No, when they're inside.
No, when they're in a complete line. When the line is green, they'll take damage.
Yeah, just like that.
Catch this one.
Oh, okay.
Hold it in.
Minor, what are you doing?
Minor.
Just make a big net.
We are the net.
Yeah. Get as far apart away from each other as possible.
We can get multiple at once.
Just try to get one at a time for now. Oh, get this one.
Yes. That's three.
Don't let what they want.
He's not getting out.
Yeah.
Ain't no way.
Down here, Nico. We grab this one.
Not under my watch. This way.
Two at a time. Efficiency.
Just don't let this one out.
Oh, yeah.
This one's up here.
Go, 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 go.
Oh!
Stretch out! Stretch out! Stretch out!
Let him get up.
Get it, get it, get it.
Okay, get the key. Go, 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 go.
Manor?
Run.
Okay, you let the miner.
Oh, easy.
Goated. Bougie.
We caught those butterflies.
Uh-huh.
Level 3.
Oh, nah.
Press space to hide. Only one player.
Okay, so whoever goes first.
I don't think.
I'm pressing space.
Space is broken.
Word.
Not bougie.
Let's see if it works. Space. What?
Oh.
I put it back.
How'd it work for Zoe? Oh, only Zoe has it. Okay.
Zoe, you got it.
Oh, she's the controller of the hider.
All right, go, Zoe.
Oh, I can't do it if you guys get caught.
Maybe we all gotta go with her.
Yeah, we can all fade in under it.
I don't like that it's me.
Yeah, everyone go with Zoe.
Who has it? Who has it?
No, it's not Zoe again.
Oh, I don't got it this time.
It's the miner.
Okay, Mina, lead the way.
Stick with miner.
Oh. All right, let's move through. Go.
Yes.
Press it!
Go, go. Hide, hide. Word.
Oh, so he has to go. He has to go ahead of time. Who has it? It's me.
It's Mia. All right, so go ahead of time.
Yeah, now do it, do it, do it.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, now go, 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 go. No, hide.
Oh, I didn't do it fast enough. I hope it's not me.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, yo, it's your boy. It's your go. It's your go.
It's Nico.
Bro said it's the goat. We about to die first try.
All right, let's go.
Little bougie man.
Oh, no.
Hit it.
Oh.
Yo. See, it's hard. It's hard.
God, it is hard. It is hard.
Why are you yelling at me?
Oh, it's me. Okay, everybody get in a line behind me.
Okay, the real go. The real go. Yeah.
Everybody get in a line behind me.
Let's all stay organized.
In a line? No, we got two lines. Two lines.
We got to be in a clump. I would say clump.
It's gotta be 2 rows.
Wait, just try it out. Just get in a line.
Okay.
Okay.
I just want to test something. Okay.
Clumpy beans.
Let me be in the middle then.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Oh.
Okay, after it goes, we move. Move, move, move. Press it. Clump. Guys,
I told you, it's difficult.
everyone has to be in a clump.
Nah, but you didn't press space.
I did.
You have to press it like really soon.
Yeah.
Bro, when is it going to be me?
Wait, who has it?
Who is it?
Oh, no, it's me.
Zoe again?
How do you want to do this, Shading 10?
All right, move.
Well, Zoe just has to press it because we just have to walk in. It's literally a thing where you just walk in. So when Zoe
I was testing.
Zoe just needs to press it way earlier than like she anticipates.
It's me.
Should we only do a few? Because see that little edge?
Yeah, let's do 2 at a time. So,
Just do one bat. Like just do one bat. Just go 4 times.
okay. Ready, Nico? You go with me. Wait. Oh my.
Oh, my fault.
Dude.
It found, bro.
Let's go.
Nice.
Run. Oh, that top one almost saw us.
Oh my gosh, that was so close.
True that.
Okay, just don't be up. Just don't be up high.
Okay, we gotta think about how to do this.
We don't have to be in the box.
Go up.
I think they could definitely pass us, so we have to be like at a certain point.
Bro, where do they...
Okay, I'm going.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
No, they're gonna come after it. They're gonna get us, right? Oh, wait.
No.
oh wait, we gotta be careful. I'm gonna inch forward.
Nice.
All right, now go. Now go. Now go.
Press it.
Ooh.
Oh.
Okay, wait.
All right, now go.
This bottom part's a clear section.
No, what are you doing?
Oh my goodness. I had to get the key somehow.
Okay, we're good down here.
No, we're good down here. We're good down here. Okay, go.
All right, do not touch the black.
Oh, my. I'm...
How do you mess up possibly the easiest part? You know what? Just for that, bro.
Oh.
Bro.
Okay, release it and then just go a little bit. Let it box it. Okay, wait, we need to go a little bit more.
Go!
Inch.
Ah, missed opportunity.
Oh, word.
Yo.
Why would
Yeah, that's good.
Now.
go? Go!
Box it.
Oh, boy.
Glitchy.
Go down.
Oh. Okay. Go.
What are you doing, bro? Chill. Zoe, I swear.
Yeah.
Line up.
All right, guys, let's go.
Cash, please.
Bro, it'd be funny if you died there either way.
Top down view, level 4. Oh no.
Let's touch the black. Dude, we all have to go our own path.
How in the bougie?
What?
Okay.
Wait, how?
Or someone is the line leader.
Okay, I know. So, Shady, you're last.
Okay. Who wants to be the line leader? Then it's got to be Cash.
Are you sure about that?
Well, up this one?
Yeah, I guess so.
Wait, no, I think we all go up.
We all go up our own?
All right?
Yeah.
I think it's kind of tight. I think it's too tight.
All right.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Wait, what?
Let's just try the single line. Let's just try a single file line.
How is this possible?
Yeah.
Single file line.
If this was timed, it would be awful.
Mia, Minor, Nico, Zoe, me.
I think we each have a row.
Yeah, but how do I get past this?
Just try it. See if you can do it. We don't know yet.
What?
Yeah, see, you can like inch.
Oh, so as long as part of your path is in.
Oh.
Like this.
We have to do buttons.
Okay, who's pulling me back?
Ooh, he stretched it.
That was me. Sorry. So we all go up our own path?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do.
We do?
We do. We have to press buttons.
Yeah, because there's buttons at the top.
All right.
But I'm getting pulled.
Hey, you're overcooking. You're overcooking.
Dude, I'm getting nudged by Zoe. Zoe, stop yugging me.
How am I? I'm not gonna press my keyboard.
Okay.
Oh, no. We all move to the left?
We gotta go. We gotta go up.
Nice.
Oh, yes. Yes. Now we come this way.
Dude,
Yes.
I don't understand how that works.
We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Like, we're already touching.
No, we're doing it. We're doing it.
Just try and stay in the middle.
Just stretch out.
Okay, the fan's gonna push us, so you might have to move to the left.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, we're good.
Oh my gosh.
Why was that so hard?
Get me out of that level.
Buns level.
That was difficult.
And we completed it!
Yay, my back hurt.
Let's go.
Yes.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we had a tournament where the last one standing wins the game. We played this in Crab Game, which is basically a remake of Squid Game, but it's way more hilarious. I'm commencing the tournament. The button has been pressed.
Smack.
Press it.
Oh, that was awkward. I think everyone needs to press it. Mia, press the button.
Oh.
You must press E.
I thought I was going to start the game. There we go.
I'm ready.
Stop thwacking. Peaceful platform. Watch out for the falling blocks. Jump on the fallen ones to keep high ground. Oh, so they stack on this platform.
Uh-oh.
What?
What?
Hey, Zoe.
Hi.
All right. Oh, there's one falling right there. Who's... Oh, there's one above me. All right, jump on here.
I'm jumping on it.
Whoa, what the Matin? Okay, this is a lot faster. Holy moly. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Ah, this is actually a lot more stressful than I expected. Why is it so fast?
This is a lot.
Yeah, I'm getting overwhelmed. Hey.
I'm overwhelmed. Ow!
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
No, who splatted?
I was overwhelmed.
Oh, gosh.
Mia, win for me.
Okay, we're chilling. Nothing above me yet. Good.
Ow!
Oh, Mia died. Oh, gosh, that's way too high up. Oh, my goodness. I almost just got smushed. Hey, bruh, we're getting really fast now. I'd appreciate it if we can slow down. Oh, my goodness. That was really close.
That's a lot of blocks.
I don't know if I can make it over here, but I'm gonna try.
Oh.
Oh, they got splatted.
Oh! Wait, I won that? I thought I was totally gonna lose. I don't know what the point of getting high ground was. I think it's just so you can dodge more. It probably makes it easier.
Yeah, I think they lied.
Oh, let's go. I won round 1. Ooh, wait. Now we're in a huge map. Yo, I don't think it explained this game to us. Run away from tagged players. If you're tagged, you get the bomb. Give it away to avoid elimination.
Wait. No, come here. Yeah.
Oh, so it's like TNT.
Oh. Oh.
I don't know how to run on here.
Yo, where did she come from? Hey, do not chase me down. There's other people here that would love to have the bomb right now. Get away from me. Yo, she's terrifying.
Please take it, please. I'm just a girl.
Where's everybody else? Oh, she's trying to climb up. Woo! Oh, she exploded.
Oh my gosh.
Now I think Zoe has the bomb.
I think it's shady.
Oh, wait, that's Shady? Yo.
I'm over here. Come here, Miner.
Whoa! Get me out of here. Oh, I got high ground. I'm chilling. Hold on. Nah, where's he at? I can't see him. I'm scared. Oh, he's down there.
Oh nah.
Is that Zoe? Yo, Zoe, he's climbing up.
You might want to run. You have to run.
Hey, yo. Oh, no. Oh, that was such a bad spot to jump. Wait, I can't climb up there? Ooh, someone's under here. Tag them. I think that's the miner.
Oh, no.
Dude, are you serious? Oh my gosh.
Did it explode him? Zoya, you're gonna get the bomb, though. I would watch out.
No, the round ended.
Oh.
It is now the next game.
So only 3 people move on to Twisted Towers. Okay, so this game we have to throw snowballs at each other. It's basically the same thing.
Oh, man.
Except everybody's a tagger.
Okay, let me lock in.
Yeah, lock in. Yeah. Oh, I'm missing. Oh, I'm buns. Wait, don't target me. I'm hitting them.
Die!
Ow! Wait, I'm actually kind of low from that. Oh, wait, hold on, I'm buns. Oh, okay, yeah, I like this. Zoya, you didn't see me.
Wait, where'd you go?
Nowhere.
Where are you?
Nowhere, Zoe. Just fight the miner.
Where'd you go? Wait, I see you.
Yeah.
Miner, he's over there.
Yeah. Hey, no, do not target me, miner. Yo! I gotta get out. I'm running. Why are you running? Boom. Oh, I missed.
Ow!
I don't know if I'm hitting my shots, to be honest. It's kind of hard to see where your snowballs are hitting.
You know what? I'm going straight to you. Ow!
Don't you dare.
My legs!
Oh, I hit you. No.
Die!
No, Zoe, back away. Yes, I killed Zoe.
Way!
Wait. Oh.
You're mean.
Hey, I somehow clutched that. Y'all were both targeting me.
Point.
Lava drop. Watch out for the falling blocks. Oh, this is like that first round we played. But now it's me against the miner. Okay, Toasted Miner. Let's see who wins this one. It looks like we're on a lava map. We got shadows also that show where to go. Or where to avoid, I mean. Okay. Oh, wait. Is that falling here? Oh, nah. I didn't realize that was right above me. I juked that at the last second. Okay. I think I'm still good in this spot right now. I'm gonna jump over here. Wait, that's a bad place to jump. Yeah, never mind. Uh-oh. I'm not gonna lie. I may be in a really bad spot.
Ooh.
I think I can clutch the... I can't clutch. I got stuck in a corner and I got smushed. And the miner won that one.
Oh, no.
Ah,
He got 5 Billy.
bruh.
Oh.
Oh, we get to do a rematch on this.
Oh, no. I'm bad at this.
So don't get stuck in a corner. That's what basically killed me.
How am I supposed to live?
Just jump on top of the blocks whenever they fall.
My jumping mechanics are bad.
And make sure you look up. I don't know if it shows a shadow after the first layer. I wish it did.
Ah! Come on.
Nah, did you already die?
Are you kidding? What? I couldn't jump.
Did Zoe and Mia already die? Are they both dead?
Dude, I jumped.
Oh! I didn't realize that was landing on me.
Oh my gosh. I was like, why are you not moving?
Look at my body down there. Oh, nah. Oh, small color climb. Oh, this one's another bomb game. I'm gonna spectate Shady. Oh, wait, never mind. I can flip through. All right, let's see who gets the bomb first, Shady or the Toast Miner.
Oh, is it just me and the miner?
Yeah, all three of us died.
It's kind of sad.
That game's buns, okay? Uh-oh. Yo, I think Shady's gonna hold the bomb until the end, Miner.
Oh, no.
He's gonna have to make the greatest escape last second.
When does it blow up?
It says you have 20 seconds in the top right. I don't know if you could see that.
I don't know if that timer's correct, though.
Oh, yeah, maybe it's not. I'm not sure.
Yeah, maybe not.
Oh! Uh-oh. Wait, now it's a running game. Miner versus Shady. Hey, 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 hey! Wait, what?
See, it ended at 5.
Yeah, it did end at 5 seconds.
It's super weird. What?
And the Miner's got 2 points now. Bruh. Someone check his computer. I think he's hacking.
I agree. Button time.
Ooh. Now we get to play the snowball game, but this time with all of us.
I'm targeting you.
No, I'm gonna push Zoe off this edge.
What? No, you're not.
Yeah, look, you're right next to me.
Stay away. Stay.
I didn't even see you. Where's everyone? Where is everyone? Oh, yeah.
Oh, gosh. Wait, hold on. Lock in, lock in.
Wait, Zoe, lock in. No, team.
Team, please.
Okay, fine. Team.
Team, please.
Get Shady.
Hey, yo.
I don't even think snowballs do any damage.
Yeah, they do.
They do. You just gotta hit them. Oh, no. Wait, I might die here.
Yo, get off me.
I might die here.
Run.
Why am I so bunt? Let me hit my shots.
Now Zoe's dead.
Oh, the Miner's dead. No. Is everybody dead?
I just went on a killing spree.
Oh, no, wait. Mia's still alive.
No.
Shady's about to get a triple.
No, he's not giving me. He's not giving me. I have to go.
Okay. Act like I don't know. Oh, wait. I can't even see either of their health. I don't know who's lower right now. I cannot tell. There's way too much, like, arch on the snowballs. They don't go straight.
I know.
You gotta aim upwards. Oh.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Yo, I can see y'all in the third person. I see where you're dodging. Oh.
No!
Yo, he killed you with 5 seconds left.
2 players left.
No, it says 1.
Oh.
Oh, it said 2 for me.
Word? Yo, the game tweaking.
It's confused.
Now Shady got a point, but the Miner's still in the lead. He's got 2.
Oh, man. I want a point.
I'm not gonna let you get one. Sorry, Bia.
You're losing. You're going to be 5th place next round.
No, I'm not that 5th place holder.
Uh-huh.
That's only Nico.
He's not here. He's not here.
Watch out for falling crabs.
What do you mean?
I'm guessing it's the same as the falling blocks, but it's crabs this time.
Do snowballs kill you this time?
Let's see. I'm gonna throw some at y'all. Yeah. Ugh. Oh, what is that? What?
Ow.
Oh, we have to fight it. Okay, throw the snowballs at the crab. Yo, what is he trying to do?
Ow!
Ow!
Oh, wait. Do not stand in those, like, circles that spawn. It goes, like, all around the map. Ouch. Oh, no. Don't you aim at me, Mr. Crab. Why is he looking at me?
Whoa.
Ooh.
What?
Oh! Bruh, how do you even survive that?
What?
That is impossible.
That is ridiculous.
I flew so far out into the water.
None of us won because that was so hard.
Yeah. Oh, small glass jump. Skip across platforms to reach the other side. We know how Glass Bridge works. Who's going first?
Yeah, which one of y'all going first? Not it.
Not it. Zoe? Miner? Oh, my game was freezing.
Wait, actually, I'm going to guess this first try.
Yeah, you got this.
Wait. You can push.
I believe this one is safe. No!
Why did you slip?
Yo, Miner.
What happened to Zoe?
Oh, what?
Bro, missed the jump.
Are you serious?
What?
Seriously.
No, we gotta redo that one. That's not fair.
Freebie. Give me that freebie.
Bruh, I'm going again. I didn't realize it was only gonna be 3.
It was so funny how Zoe slipped, bro. What was that?
Sussy Sandcastle, race to the finish, don't fall out of bounds. All right.
I'm not getting through this. I just know I'm not.
The slowest player. Oh, there's only 3 spots.
Oh, no.
Oh my goodness. Wait, I'm bad at this parkour. Hey, yo.
Go, 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 go.
Get me down. Let me down. All right, here we go. Wipe out balls. Yeah. Ay, bruh. Oh, that is so hard.
Why do they bounce like that?
I know. I need to go back up.
Ow.
Okay, at least nobody else made it through. Yeah.
Move.
Oh, are you serious?
How do you do that? What?
Okay, I think the strat is jumping right on the center of it. Yeah, I got it. Boom. Hey, I think I'm gonna get a spot secured. Oh, what is this?
How do I do this? Jump.
Yeah. Oh, that was clean.
No.
I'm just following Shady up here. I'm not trying to go through those obstacles. I think I'm gonna get my spot secured. Let's go.
Oh,
Oh, no.
I didn't know parkour was required to live.
This is scary.
I did it.
Yeah. Oh, that's fast.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah. Okay, I made it. What's next? Please tell me I'm done.
Oh!
Oh, big red beams.
Bro, that is so hard.
Whoa! Are you serious? Okay, it's fine. I didn't fall that far down.
I literally just lost health.
Nah, I did too. I'm at 80. Okay.
No. Dude, how do you beat this?
Okay, I'm back up to the red beams. All right, I gotta just watch out.
Dude! Bro, are you serious?
Come on.
Oh my goodness. I missed the last jump.
Dude, the spinny beams are like impossible.
I think I almost did it. You just gotta... No, no, no. Okay, yeah. If you get hit once on the red beams, it's gonna push you off.
Bro, this is already hard as if. Come on, Miner.
I think I got this. Let me lock in. Oh, Miner's trying to jump on top.
Dude, I don't know how you beat that. I don't know how you get enough acceleration to get past this thingy.
I'm gonna try again. I'm back up.
Are you kidding? What?
Okay. Boom, boom. Oh, no. Okay, that's fine. As long as I don't fall all the way down.
What?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. I keep hitting it. Bro. No, no, no. Let me down.
Ow.
Wow. I am buns at this. Holy moly. Do we only have 15 seconds?
I think so. And then we're all out.
Everybody gets out? I just gotta go then.
Dude, what is...
No!
Where do we even go?
Zoya was confused.
Bro, I almost made it past those red beams. I got so close.
The ones at the very top?
Yeah, and then I hit the edge and fell off. Return to monkey. Pick up snowballs and hit other players. Oh. Yo, this is reminding me of a gorilla tag map.
True.
All right, I'm gonna camp. Wait, can I grab a snowball through this? I can. Oh. Oh!
Who did that?
Whoa, 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 Martin. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mia, I think I saw you.
No.
Who's over here? Who is over here? Who's hiding? Hello? I'm scared. I'm about to get ran up on. Hey, yo! Hey, it's Shady!
Oh!
Oh, I need my pile. Okay, there we go. Where's he at? Where did you go?
You gotta hit this person on the tower, bruh.
Someone's on the tower? Hey, yo, there's a Fortnite tire. Boom.
I'm gonna die. Stop.
Oh, wait. I feel like this might be a bad spot to be in. I see Shady over there, though. Hey, who's throwing over there? Who is that? Yeah. Oh, please tell me I hit that.
Oh, nah.
Oh, I think I took fall damage.
30 seconds.
Oh, I killed the miner. Mia is so visible with her red hat.
Dude.
Excuse me, who's hiding behind here? Oh. Ow. Oh, gosh. Wait, I can't die. I will not die. Hello, Martin. Hello, Martin. I think Zoe's still alive. Oh.
Ooh, you're so lucky.
I'm at 41 health.
How do you even see your health? Oh, it's in the bottom right.
I think 2 shots and you're dead. Tiny Town 2. Seeker has to find and eliminate a player.
No, no, no.
Oh, okay. Well, how do you even hide on this map?
I'm a seeker.
Wait, what? Yeah, you're the one targeted red. Uh-oh. Wait, so if he finds us, Zoe, we're dead. That's not a good hiding spot. I think he sees you.
I'm hiding.
Run, run, run. Oh, Zoe, you might be cooked.
Go to Cash. Go to Cash. Go to Cash. Look, he's right here. He's right here.
No, do not go to me. I'm running.
Yeah, he's right here.
I'm running away. Hey, yo.
Wait, what?
Oh! Oh, that was brutal.
Yo, he just knifed me.
Small sandy islands.
Oh, man.
Skip across platforms to Oh, this is another parkour. Oh!
Oh, this is the glass, bro.
It's glass, but retextured as sand and rocks. All right, who's going first?
All right, rock, paper, scissors.
All right, I don't know how to do that.
Just say what you're gonna say.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Paper.
3, 2, 1.
Scissors.
You're copying me.
No, I'm not.
Fine, fine. If I'm going on this one, you gotta do the other two. Ready? Boom. No!
Oh.
I don't think I've gotten a single platform on there.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh god. Oh my god. Okay. Tiny Town 2, but this time we got all the players. Yo, I'm gonna push Shady off this edge.
Where even are you?
I'm right next to you. Look.
Oh.
Yo, bro's staring at me.
Hey, bruh.
Hey! Wait, why does he have a crown? Wait, am I the Seeker? Oh, no, I'm not.
Oh, it's King of the Hill.
What?
King of the Hill!
Ah!
I don't even have a hat. We have to get their crowns. We have to get crowns.
Oh, take his crown.
Take them.
Dude, you have a crown too. You have a crown too, Cash.
Oh, both of us have crowns. It's like Fall Guys.
Yo, I glitched into the map.
Stop it, miner. Stop it, miner.
How do I get the crown?
I'm fighting with the miner right now. Yo, we're just trading the crown.
How do I get the crown?
You have to hit me. You have to hit me. No, please, 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 no.
I already did hit you.
Hit her.
Guys, yo, the miner's trying to take my weave.
Sack him. I got it.
Yeah. Stop trying to take my weave. Stop trying to take my weave. Hey, miner. No, give me the crown back.
Give me up.
Shady, you gave out my spot.
I had the crown for a while.
Hey. Give me that.
No.
Give me it. Got it.
Mia. Wait, what?
Give me it. I have a high score. My score is so high right now.
My score's pretty high, too.
Weave.
Oh. Hey, yo, give me that. Nah.
Ow! How did I even die?
Oh my.
What was y'all's score? I had 212.
I had 216.
156.
Oh, so me and Shady were the highest. Oh.
Nah, it's the button game.
This one's completely RNG, just like the bridge.
Oh gosh.
All right, you already know what color I'm going with.
Don't do red.
Here we go. Do I have to go first? Oh, I have to go first.
Yellow safe.
Yellow safe?
Yeah.
So I'm stealing Shady's color?
Yeah.
All right, fine. Safety torch.
What the boom?
Sorry, Shady, that's my color. Yeah.
Ah, fine. I'll just go pink. Pink is definitely safe.
Okay, we'll see if it's safe. Oh, it actually was safe. Woo!
Green. Do green.
Green? Okay, Mia said red is the bad one, so I'm just not gonna press red. I'll stay safe on green.
I think blue is bad. I'm gonna be honest. I think blue is bad.
You think blue is bad?
Uh-huh.
So it's a 50-50 chance for Shady.
It's 50-50.
No, I think it's red. I think it's red.
I think blue is bad.
Oh my goodness, Mia was right.
Oh, let's go!
Oh, thank goodness.
Reset. Dang, that's actually crazy.
Okay, which one's bad, Mia?
Go blue. Go blue.
Go blue this time? All right, bet. Yeah, there's no way it can be that twice in a row, right? Oh, yes, sir. Dubs?
What? What? All right, red.
Okay, yeah, red. We'll see if that's safe. Oh,
Woo!
Okay.
we're on a streak. All right, what should I go?
Go yellow.
Yellow? All right, fine, I'll go yellow. It's got to be safe this time, right?
Walk. Okay.
Why am I always left with the 50-50?
I don't know which one's bad. I don't have a feeling here.
Green.
Green? Oh!
Bro.
Oh, he exploded. I would have went with the Zoe color. Yeah!
Oh, no.
PogChamp.
We need to bring back poggers.
Stay on the platforms and don't touch the floor. Some of the platforms will break, so keep moving.
I'm not good at movement.
Oh gosh.
Oh, okay. So watch the platforms and try not to fall through them. I'm just gonna keep moving between these ones. I think these ones are chilling. None of them are shaking or breaking. I'm just gonna stick with these 4.
I feel safe on this one.
Oh wait, that one's breaking. No! I exploded.
How do you know if it's breaking? Oh.
It like starts mining down.
Go, Zoe, go.
Come on, give me that RNG.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh, thank goodness.
No way. Shady, Zoe, and Mia are alive.
Oh, what? The game was over.
I think you're still alive.
Wait, you're still alive, right?
She's still alive.
No, she's dead.
What?
She died.
Wait, no, she died.
It was over.
Oh, nah. Yo, Mia, that was messed up.
Whoa.
Wait, what do I go on? Do I go on the glowing one?
Yeah, you go on the glowing one.
What? Okay, I deserve that.
That was karma for what you did to Zoe.
It was over.
Yo, Shady's at 3 points now. He's in the lead.
Let's go.
I want to see who gets a point first, Zoe or Mia. I hope it's Zoe just because she got pushed off. Oh, wait. Okay. It's the boss fight.
I don't know how we win in this when it jumps, bro. That was crazy.
I think we just got to kill it as fast as possible. Just take a snowball and start throwing it at him immediately. And make sure to dodge all the stuff that shows on the ground. Yeah. Start hitting him. Yo, let him get up.
Pre-fire.
What's up? Snatch his weave. Oh, he's jumping. Wait. Dude, oh, you have to jump over that.
How am I supposed to dodge both of those?
You have to jump over those rings.
That's what I did.
Shady's got it locked in.
Oh my.
Oh, that was just one. Okay. Is he gonna solo the crab? Oh yeah, watch out for those things. They come out of the floor. Oh, they're like red domes. Oh,
Whoa!
no!
Dude, why is it like 1 and then it's double sometimes?
I don't know. I'm gonna kill that crab.
Man, maybe if my team was alive, we would have had it.
I didn't realize you had to jump. Oh, it's this one again. Okay, this is the first one we played.
Yeah.
I got the strat against that crab if I get him again. I guess it's not really a strat. I just know how to play against him now.
Walking around.
Uh-oh. Bro, of course it spawns right above me.
Let me up.
Okay. Wait, Martin. Wait. Okay, we're chilling. I'm just not even gonna look up. I'm just gonna look at the shadows. I think that's the strat here. Okay, there we go. There's a shadow right there. Boom. Now watch these 2 blocks. Do not die. I'm gonna stand in the middle, actually. Yo, who's over there alone? Is that Mia?
I'm watching to the shadows.
How did Zoe just not die?
I have no idea.
I am a survivor.
Yo, Zoe got plot armor. This is unfair. What the Martin? I'm just watching these blocks.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness. Okay, shadows are coming out of nowhere. This is terrifying. Has anybody died yet?
Me. It punched me and I died.
Oh, Zoe got pushed. Yo, get me out of here.
Hey, get me out of here, bruh.
Oh my goodness. Okay, they're falling so much faster now.
Bro. Oh my. Dude.
Dude.
The miner was the only one that survived that.
They just all started coming down like so fast.
I lasted so long.
That was like impossible at the end. Bruh. All right, this one's for all the marbles. Both the miner and Shady have 3. So we're going to see if I can either tie with them or if one of them wins. Or if Zoe or Mia gets a dub.
I hope Zoe can.
It's a glass bridge. Who's going first?
Mia and Zoe. Mia and Zoe.
Zoe and I are the lowest, so we have to go first. It's this one.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh God. Oh my God.
And it's this one.
Nah, get me through. Let me through. Oh, I got pushed.
Bro, I got nudged. Now it's actually a showdown to see who wins. I kind of got nudged off to the side. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't realize it would push me that much. It's the same one where it breaks, right?
I guess so.
But there's like no platforms. If they both die, I guess there's no winner. Okay. Let's see. I'm spectating Shady right now.
Oh, the miner.
What? How is he alive? Oh, the miner's in a bad spot.
Oh, give me that. Give me that.
Literally RNG. Literally RNG.
Nah, I went to the one with 2. We good. We good. We good.
Is this IRL? Why does metal break metal? All right. I think Shady has got all the marbles. He's collected all of them.
$20 million in my pocket.
Whatever, bro.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Every 5 seconds, we get a random item on these Fortnite pillars. And the goal of this game is to be the last one standing and to try and defend yourself from your friends' attacks. It gets really hectic and the rounds go really quick, but there's a lot in this game that we still need to learn. Last one standing on the pillars wins. We got 15 seconds until the round starts.
Let's go.
So it's time to see which one of us is the best. It's gonna be me.
What even is this, man?
We're all hopping into it. First time. I've never seen anything about this game. Oh, 100 health. New item in 3 seconds. Okay.
And we can collect mats. Oh my.
Did Nico just fall off the edge?
What is that? What is that?
Ain't no way.
Oh, that was so close.
I see you throwing something at me, bruh. What is that? Okay. I see how to play now.
This is gonna be a little fast paced.
It's gonna be super fast paced.
I love it. I love it.
Okay, we go again. I need to get my mats. Oh wait, open. I got a treasure chest. Give me that. Excalibur rifle.
I got a jetpack.
Yo, stop throwing grenades.
Grenade.
Yo, wait, I'm just gonna farm real quick. I got a jetpack, guys.
Wait, you have a jetpack? I got 10 brick. Okay, I'm gonna build out this way, just in case.
Wait, I can just go to middle. Oh my gosh, middle has so much loot.
Hey, he's collecting everything. Yo, shoot at him.
Oh, wait, yeah, you wanna shoot at me? Take this, bro.
Oh, I hurt you.
Wait, what?
Oh my god.
What just happened?
Oh my gosh, what's going on?
Hello, Skip.
What is that?
Oh god, that came out of nowhere.
All right, get over here, get over here.
Nico's still alive? That jetpack is OP.
You get brand.
Bro, what are you flying with? What is that?
Let me get the jetpack. Oh my goodness, I almost fell off. That was scary.
Oh, health boost.
Yes, health boost, thank goodness. I think I'm gonna build walls instead of floors this time. I have a grenade launcher.
Okay, yo, I'm chill. I'm chilling.
Nah, Nico throwing stuff. I got a balloon.
Oh my gosh. Are you serious? I launched off the edge.
I'm drinking a little.
Bro, why did it make me jump off the edge, bro?
Yes, he got launched out.
Oh my gosh, dude. Every game I always almost fall in the void.
Okay, we got a no weapons. I got a med mist smoke grenade. Why did you drink your slurp juice already? You're not gonna save it.
Hey, yo, enjoy this.
Oh, nah. No, Nico, yo, chill.
Whoa! What is this?
Nico, you gotta chill out with that, bruh.
Banana of the gods.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
What did I just watch? I just blocked your airstrike with a snowman.
Oh, no.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. I'm gonna put on a bush. No more skibbity slicers over here. Is Nico still alive?
Wait, what is this? Banana of the gods?
Yeah, I don't know what the banana of the gods does.
Stop throwing stuff at me.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What did I just do? Blech.
I thought the junk rift was gonna rift. I forgot that it dropped stuff over.
Bush bomb?
Is Nico still alive, bro? Where is this dude?
Yeah, wait. Nico has been alive the entire time. Wait, what? Where's he at? Oh, he's right there. Oh, God. You're getting an airstrike, bruh.
Wait, what? No, please.
Oh my god.
Whoa, that was sketchy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Hey, Shady, enjoy this, bro. Wait, actually, this is strats.
Are you gonna drop something?
Never mind.
Yeah, enjoy this, buddy. Yeah.
Some of these items are cool.
Dude, I know Nico started throwing a lightning strike on me and then I did it back.
My KD is still 0. Did I not kill any of you guys?
Dang, boy. No weapons again?
Boy, I am buns. Okay, I got a junk rift. I could save that. I need to get over to the other islands. Maybe that's the strat.
Oh yeah, sting him. Sting him.
Oh, nah. Give me a new item.
Do what is that? What is that? What is that?
Oh my god. Get me over here. Yes. I love it. Hello, Martin. Take this, Nico. Watch it. There's something falling from the...
What?
I killed him.
Surprise, boy.
What is that? No, no.
Are you kidding me? I could have built a wall. What was I doing?
Surprise, boy.
All right. Only snipers.
Wait, what? No, this is legendary.
I don't like that.
Whoa! Boom!
Oh god.
Whoa, dude! Dude, stop targeting me! No!
Wait, I missed both my shots.
Dude, how are these not shooting? What?
I missed all my shots.
Ow!
Who's the banana?
I killed Shady. Yo, I gotta go.
Yo, enjoy this, bro.
Oh, you missed me. Oh, you missed me.
Oh, no.
You bloody Sigma. You Sigma toilet. You missed.
Hey, how do I drop the stuff?
You missed. Talk to it.
No, I stood still.
I just used all my sniper shots. That was literally my last one. I'm buns. Lava floor.
Oh my gosh, every game I almost fall off.
Wait, this is bussin'. I love it.
Hi, Snoop Dogg. Can I deliver you something?
No, cut it out, bruh. Oh, I missed.
Oh!
I thought that was gonna one-shot him. Did Nico fall?
Yes.
Sorry, bro. Hey, I see you over there, banana. I see you over there. Okay, you know what? I need to throw one of these at him. Can I hit this?
Dude, why am I not getting any stuff?
How? Am I buns? Yeah, I just got something cool. What is that?
Bro just put on a bush.
Yeah, I did. And you know what? Take this. Ooh, cuttlefish. I called in an airstrike on you. I don't know if you got it yet. Did it miss?
Ow, 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 ow.
Oh my god. Okay, I just took a lot of damage to that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo, floor is lava. That's crazy.
I need the splash. I win. I out-healed, I guess. These games are so hectic. Okay, do not fall off the edge.
All right, lucky.
Sky fishing? Wait, what? Oh, we got a rift fish. We can go to any island.
Oh.
I want this one. It's got a cool couch on it. I like it. Yes. Hey, who's near me? Who's near me?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, Sigma. Hey. Watch it. Watch it.
Nobody, Daddy.
What is that? What is that? Oh god. Oh my god, I'm scared.
I'm scared. Hey!
Oh god. I'm trying to use all my items and I have no idea what they do.
What the heck is that, boy?
Oh,
Look out, buddy.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Watch it, watch it, watch it. Ah.
I should have saved my fish for later.
Another one.
Hunting.
Hunting.
Wait, I just killed a chicken. What did that do?
Oh, you get stuff when you drop it. Hey!
Can I shoot you with it?
Sorry, bro.
Oh, okay. You can shoot each other with it.
Oh, you getting shot from the side, boy.
Oh, nah.
Hey!
Bro, why me?
Because Spider-Man over there was targeting you, bruh.
Oh, nah.
Hello!
It ain't my fault.
Are you building a fort?
Hey, bro, good luck with that.
Oh, God. Your stuff's about to fall off the edge. You gotta watch out. Oh, my God. Nico, you're getting shredded.
Oh, you like that tickle?
Nah, bro, I'm chilling. Trust.
What in the world did you just place down? Oh, and Shady can't see. I'm gonna spectate Nico.
Get out of there, Shady.
What? Nah, that smoke bomb cooked you.
Nah, it's all good. Watch this.
Oh, W strat.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, he's still alive, though. But we friends, though.
We friends, though.
Is Buddy in a box?
Yo, why yo shoot faster than me? Ah! Dude, how do you shooting that fast?
Why are you going fast?
1% improvement, guys. That's all that matters.
All right, let's go. Jetpack. Oh, God. I'm going this way. Give me the materials.
Oh, what the heck? Hey, Snoop Dogg, I have something I want to show you, dude.
Wait, what? Ow. Get me away from this maniac. Yo, this maniac's chasing me. There's a bush. Oh, my God. Okay, are we all just going to chase each other down? I don't even have a gun.
What is a recon scanner?
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Hey, you cut it out. What is going on? My jetpacks are activating by themselves. Donnie Bio.
Ah! Why you get a gun?
You die too, Nico. Oh, I missed.
No, bro, I'm good.
Wait, I'm buns. Low-key.
Wait, what?
Yeah, that's right. I'm not scared.
What's right?
What? What do you want from me, Nico? I'm healing over here. Okay, dude. Really? You stop going over there. How about that? There's a plunger. Oh, ow.
Enjoy this, bro.
No, cut it out. Cut it out. Oh, you buds. Oh, no, bro, I got no weapons.
Yes.
Oh, you lucky. Boy.
Oh, you lucky ducky.
Times 3 damage. Okay. Please. Wait, I like the shield bubble. I like him. They can't hit me now.
No. I don't have a shield.
Hey, I got a shield bubble, dude. Cut it out. You bloody. You Sigma.
Dude, I can't hide.
I'm gonna touch your arm, dude.
Hey! Whoa!
Okay, we're good. For some reason, I still die.
Bro, are you serious?
Okay, that sniper is OP. Hello, Nico. Skibbity. Oh, I missed.
How did you know I was down here?
I see your build. Skibbity. Oh, yeah.
What?
That sniper is way too good.
Nah, that sniper does like 1,000,000 damage.
I want to see what ninja's like. Ninja pacifiers. Ooh, lucky block. Wait a second. There's a lucky block in the middle. You see it?
Oh, let's get to it.
I want it. But I also want to give Shady something. There you go. Present for you.
I'm going for it. Wait, I overshot it.
Ah! Wait, I just won the game.
Bro, I had no protection from the airstrike.
You know, another word for this game would be Skywars, right? Okay. Hold on. Do not shoot me, please.
Nah, bro. Oh, sorry, my fault. No, don't worry about it. I wasn't trying to do anything.
Hey, watch it. I see you guys shooting your arrows.
Well, I got a red dot on Shady.
You targeting the wrong person, bro.
What is this? Big big bush bomb. I don't know if I want to use that on myself.
What you doing over there, bro?
What am I doing over where? How did I miss that? My buns? In my buns or what? Okay, I'm missing all my shots. Dude, I'm missing every... Wait, is Nico near me? Hey, I have more weapons. I'm not afraid to use them.
Stop it.
You stop it, bloody.
No. What was that?
I think I just killed... Wait. Oh my god. What was that? You Sigma toilet. You Skibbity Sigma.
Dude, I can't move.
There's a chug jug here. I don't know if I want that.
No, what? What was that?
I just bush bombed Shady. Yeah, that's right. Ow! Oh my god. Was that really necessary?
Yes.
Yes. All right, well, I can drink my minis now, so I don't care. Oh, wait. I got something cool. Okay, how do I win this against Shady? Do I use this? What? Oh my god. This quick editing is so weird. Where you at, bruh? All right, you know what? I'm just gonna pot up. Is he in that bush?
What, idiot? No.
You hiding in that bush, aren't you? You must be. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna build one of these. Oh, stink bow. Wait, the storm's coming in. We gotta go, Shady. What is that? Wait, I want this. I don't know what it does, but yeah. Oh my god. Wait, that was awesome. Watch this. 360 no scope. 360.
Oh, baby. Yo, can this thing reload?
Die! Yes!
Hello?
Yeah.
I don't even know what weapon I was using. Okay, we have hunting again, but I have a shotgun, and that's like lily buns. I don't want to use my ranger stuff. Whoa. What? Why'd you jump?
Dude, I thought I was carrying the chicken.
Oh, nah.
You could use the chickens to fly.
Wait, where's Shady at? Is he over there? Or am I tweaking?
Every game I fall in the void. It's crazy.
I swear he's over there, right? Did I waste that shockwave? Where are you at, Shady?
How are you getting all the good items?
I have no idea. I wasted it anyways. Are you behind those boxes? Be honest with me.
Bart.
I would like to talk to you about something. Am I blind?
You will not find me.
I need to get more materials. Hold on. I will find you in a second. What is that? Whoa, watch it. Why did my grapple not work?
Oh my god. Yeah.
Lava floor.
Whoa. We've never seen it before. Now, I don't know if the bottle rockets are good. I'm not gonna lie. But I will use them either way. I don't mind. I don't mind at all.
I see something in the middle.
What is that? Wait, that's like an OP gun.
Oh, that's a nice looking sniper.
Hey. I want this snowman. Yeah. Uh-huh. What they gonna say now? Hey. Nico just got the gun.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. He just got the gun. Oh, watch it. Hey, watch it. Watch it, Nico. Watch the impulse.
Oh no.
What? You're alive? How are you alive right now? Snowman army. Hey, enough with the bottle rockets, bruh.
Yo.
Ow, I'm hiding. Uh-huh. What they gonna say now? Wait, banana of the gods. Give me that.
What's hurting me?
What was that?
Oh, Martin.
Oh, it's the lava.
Hey. Whoa. I didn't realize that the void was still there. That's Bobby.
Oh my gosh, the lava's rising and murked us.
I could have survived that. Oh, 2x loot? Okay.
Nice, I like that.
All right, give me something good. First item, SMG with 1 bullet. I'll take it.
Business turret? What's that?
Oh, nah. Oh, my God.
Yo.
Baby, what? Why'd I get targeted, bro?
There's no way it sees me from here.
Sorry, bro. It's just my business turret.
Ain't no way, boy. Wait, is that a baseball bat? Oh, my God, it is.
Let me just pick that up real quick. Let me just plop that down right there.
You take that, buddy. Oh, they're going for each other. Oh, it's going for you. Watch it. Hey, Nico, I would watch out for me. I got some cool items over here.
Dude, what is this quick edit, bro?
I got no idea. Wait, what is this? Boom sniper rifle? Ah, I tried it.
Oh, I see.
Nah. Die.
No.
It's gonna boom you. Oh my god. Stop shooting at me. That's rude. Yo, I'm gonna snipe you midair, bruh. Wait a second. How are you still up there? No.
No way.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, his plunger stuck to his balloon.
That's crazy.
Thank goodness. And now we got trick shot. Oh, I like it.
Ooh, okay, wait. Let me try. Oh, no.
What just happened? He fell into the void.
I thought that thing would boost me farther.
Porta-forts, activate. Oh, whoa. What's going on?
What is your porta-fort doing?
Whoa, wow.
That is crazy.
I love it. I love my little porta-fort. Now, where are you at? Hey, where are you shooting at me from? Don't you dare break my porta-fort.
Oh, that would have been crazy.
I have no idea where you are.
What's bouncing? Dude, is like a piece of junk bouncing?
Yes. Shady, I know you are near me. I just don't know exactly your pinpointed location. Now, if you're hiding, I would like for you to show yourself, please.
You will never find me, baby.
I want to kill you, bro. Let me kill you. Okay, I'm just gonna collect my items. I don't care. Where are you? You're literally a big yellow banana. It's not hard to find you.
You almost saw me.
I almost saw you. Oh, I see you over there. Yeah. Does that hit?
What is that?
It was a cluster plunger.
Shield Bubble Jr.?
Oh my god. My grenade got bounced off. I'm gonna break that. Break it.
You stop it.
You stop it.
You stop it.
You bloody. You skibidi.
You stop it.
You don't hide. Boom. Ah.
Why can't I scope in midair?
Can I break this shield bubble? Wait. What is this? Ooh. I love it. I want to shoot it there. I missed. Never mind. I'm good. Stop it. Don't you antagonize me right now, bruh. Wait a second. This is what I want. I want it.
Whoa!
Oh, I missed.
Oh, heck no, baby.
Yes! Wait, did I kill you with my flintlock?
Nah, bro. I just jumped. I literally couldn't go anywhere, bro. I was cooked.
Cash is cheating.
Nuh-uh. I'm just a goat. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe!
subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, I kept trolling my friends over and over in Prop Hunt. This game's new, and you get abilities whether you're the hider or the seeker. So I pretty much just made it impossible for them to even find me. All right, we're playing Prop Hunt, and right now it's the witch hiding phase. And I'm the seeker. I'm the only one that's seeking right now.
Oh, nah.
Oh, gosh.
This is horrible.
I'm gonna find all of you guys. I got rocks that I could throw at y'all, and I can become a ball. It's an ability I chose.
What?
I am going to hide from you.
Oh, yeah.
And you'll never find me.
If I see any props moving, I'm gonna throw these rocks, and I'm gonna kill them. Looks like I can spam them, too.
Cash, you're literally not gonna find my spot.
Yeah, we'll see about that. All right, let me out. It's time to look for... Wait, why is there somebody moving already? Hey, yo, there's already a prop here.
Right.
I killed Shady.
Dude, I didn't know you were gonna come right out of the doorway.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I didn't know. I didn't know either.
Did Nico get out?
What are you talking about?
Was he next to me? He was most definitely next to me, wasn't he?
No, what are you talking about?
All right, I'm turning into a ball and I'm running into stuff.
Dude, I did not know bro was about to come right out of that door. That was scary.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, that was my hiding spot. I was also a hider just like you guys. Okay, I can't find anyone. Hello? Is one of these books Zoe or Mia?
This is so difficult.
Yeah!
This is such a bad spot.
I'm gonna ground slam. I know someone's around. I'm checking down the hallways. Don't worry. I know Nico was definitely around me somewhere. Oh, I swear I just hit somebody. Who was that?
I hear someone.
I heard somebody. Hello? Who was that? Okay, I swear I saw like a present box.
What I hit? Oh.
Am I tweaking?
What was that?
What the Martin?
Oh, gosh.
Hello, bro?
Yo, I see a book.
All right, they definitely got to be in this room.
Get over here, bro.
I wonder what Nico's POV looked like there when I came out of the room.
Don't worry about it.
You must have been terrified of me.
I am just hiding, and you will never find me.
I know you're something. You're around me for sure.
Who was that? Where did you go?
Yo, how to get a pizza? Okay, there's someone definitely in this room, right? Oh, I know there is. I know there is.
No.
Someone's being silent. Ball time. Rah!
It's this lamp. It's this lamp, bro.
Yeah, I know. Yo, let it get up. Let it get up. Okay.
Oh, wait, is that a decoy? That might be a decoy, bro.
No, that is not a decoy. They are dodging, bro. Did they get out of our sight?
I wonder who it is.
That was most definitely Mia.
No.
Oh, did you kill it?
See, where'd he go?
They disappeared. They teleported.
That is a decoy, bro.
Ain't no way, boy. All right, who has the decoy ability? Stop sending decoys at us.
What is happening?
There ain't no way, boy. Uh-oh.
Be careful, Nico.
Shitty, are you near him or is that me?
Nico, don't fumble.
Nico, you better not die, bro. I know you're somewhere in here.
Boom!
Are you serious?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, I saw you, bro.
How did you know where I was, bro?
There's got to be somewhere around here.
That was terrifying.
Excuse me, I would like to kill someone.
Okay, where is Zoe and Mia, Nico? Where were they at?
I don't know.
I'm just running into everything in this room right now
Nowhere.
as a ball.
Did we check outside at all?
I don't think I have yet. Let me go outside.
I'm going outside right now. I'm trying to get everything.
Oh,
Kiss me outside. How about that?
there was a chicken there. I think that's one of our abilities, though. Okay, open this door up.
It is.
Oh, a spring.
Only 60 seconds left. We gotta lock in.
Stay hidden.
Where are they hiding? Ball time. I'm literally like Wrecking Ball from Overwatch.
Nah.
We are just girls.
Okay.
Just trying to hide.
I know there's somewhere around here.
Just girly pops enjoying life.
It shows whenever you actually hit somebody, so if I see a hit marker, then I know I got someone. Hello, Martin.
Hey, Zoe, where are you?
Bro, where are they at?
Wait, that's a chicken. Oh, never mind.
Nothing.
I am tweaking. Okay, their hiding spots must be goated if we have not found them yet.
Oh my gosh.
Zoe, am I near you or is that somebody else?
I think we win. I think we win.
No way.
Did I find someone? Did I find someone?
No.
No way.
Bro, where are they?
They're gonna win.
We won.
No.
Yay!
Are you serious? Okay, in my defense, that was like my first game.
Yeah, me too.
It's not fair. Okay, are you serious? Second round, I'm the seeker again?
Oh, good day for me.
Dwayne, no way, boy. All right, well, I can do better this round. Now I know how to look.
Okay, now I know where this dude's gonna spawn.
Yeah, although it could be a different hiding spot.
Wait, where does he spawn?
How do you know I don't spawn somewhere else now? Hello, Martin.
Yo, what if he spawns like right next to me?
I might spawn right next to you. Who knows? Ball time. We move. Yeah, definitely not anywhere around here. I'm bouncing around as a ball right now.
I literally have the most goated spot.
Are you sure?
This is insane.
I'm running through everything in my sight right now.
Um.
I'm not seeing any hit markers just yet.
Oh gosh.
Zoe, why are you making that laugh?
I didn't do any laugh.
I like that laugh.
I must be around you somewhere, huh?
No.
Okay, Martin. Well, if I'm not,
I'm just a girl.
then that means I gotta go to this side.
Yo, is that a chicken?
I really should have picked some other abilities. I'm not gonna lie, it would have helped me look a lot more. Alright, I'm just tagging everything I can.
Yeah, you are not gonna find this spot. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah? Not even if I wrecking ball all these bookshelves?
Yep.
Okay, I can't wrecking ball the bookshelves. Never mind. I thought I could for a second. I need like some chickens or something. Yeah. Boxes? Out of my way. I don't think anything's here. What about this side?
We are locked in, bros.
I know.
Alright, they must all be near each other. They gotta be, right?
Maybe.
Let
You'll never know.
me check all these rooms individually. I don't think I did that yet. I definitely wrecking balled this place though.
Nico, are you in the same room as me?
Huh?
Are you in the same room as me?
Yeah, wrecking ball.
Huh?
Are you not?
Excuse me.
No, I'm not.
I see you.
Nobody in here, I guess.
Yo, Zoe, don't reveal location.
You know, from my distance, it looks like Nico's a lamp.
What?
Dang.
A lamp.
Okay, from
Yeah, what do I look like, Nico, huh?
A barrel.
barrel. Mia's a barrel.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh, really?
Roll away!
Zoe, what are you?
Okay, I honestly don't know if they're inside or outside. I'm just gonna go this way.
I'm not telling you.
Shady, well, I know what you are.
Wait. I see Mia.
Decoy!
I see Mia. Where's she going?
Go, 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 go.
Ah! Okay, these stones are buns. I think I'm hitting though. I'm sniping, kinda. Or at least I'm trying to.
Mia, use your abilities.
I'm using it!
Fly or something.
She's using them, but they're the buns abilities.
My fly's out!
I'm following her as a ball right now. I'm wrecking ball. All right, I'm just gonna start spamming these stones. Why are you running?
Yo, what can I turn into, bro?
Please help me, please help.
Oh, finally. Now she's a dead witch. Ah.
Okay, I'm looking for people.
Their body just kind of flops around. All right, let me see. What is this? Oh, this is a spring. Boom. Let me up here. I'm a wrecking ball everything up here.
I'm sorry, Cash, but
I don't know where they're all at.
you ain't finding us.
Yeah, we good.
We locked in, bro.
Huh.
Where are they?
Dude, I locked in, bruh.
Mia, you were a hider. You should know. I got no idea.
I know Zoe and Nico are like towards the top.
Oh, nah.
What?
Why?
Where's the top?
I don't know where.
Why are you why?
I know where Shady is because his is an easy one.
Why are you why?
Okay, then come find me then.
Okay.
Come get me then.
Where were you? Where was I is the question.
Not gonna lie, I have 23 seconds. I don't think I'm gonna be able to even get up there.
Oh, I know where you are.
Although I have a spring here. That's perfect. I'll take that. Yeah, we got 7 seconds. I doubt this is happening.
I don't see you, Mia.
I literally don't know where you are.
And the round's over. Aw, man.
Oh, man.
Let's go.
Let's go, Martin.
Another dub for the witches.
Okay, now we're on a new map, and this one's way bigger. And this time I'm a hider.
Whoa.
So I can go over here and turn into whatever prop I want.
Why this map kind of beautiful, though?
I am the seeker.
And I also have abilities where I can jump scare people.
Huh? You can what?
What?
Oh, it's gonna be awesome.
No way.
I'm gonna try and jump scare Nico. Oh no, I gotta turn into something though. I gotta go quick.
Where are you?
What, the Martin?
Oh boy, this is a bad spot.
Oh, no.
Ugh.
Wait, what?
Hello, is there anyone over here?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Is there anyone above here?
No.
Ah, what is that? What is that?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I just got jump scared. All right, you know what? I'm searching around. I am the seeker.
Wait, the jump scare actually worked?
You know, I got jump scared for a second.
Dude,
I was kind of just testing it. I didn't think it would actually work. Okay.
Nico almost caught me.
Yo, this is a big map.
Oh yeah, it is.
But I almost caught you.
No.
You know what?
Let's see.
There was a few spots I went to.
I gotta turn into something else, bruh.
Hey, yo, where are you?
No.
Nowhere? Don't worry about it.
Hey, yo, I hear someone taunting.
Oh, really?
Who's taunting?
How do I move?
What the skib?
Where are you?
Nico, there's a lot more map for you to explore. You don't have to stay there.
I think I see a tomato. I see a tomato on the roof.
Wait, he sees the tomato? Uh-oh, Martin. What if I jump scare him?
Dude, don't jump scare me.
Okay.
Do it.
I just need to hit him with it.
All right.
If he gets near me, then I'll hit him.
What do my chickens do? I send out a loyal chicken, and then...
Oh, yeah, and it searches witches for you.
Oh, okay.
So did you get anything?
How do I know if there's gonna be a witch?
Oh, come on. Oh, come on.
Come on, chicken.
Oh, I hit him.
Ah, yeah.
I actually hit him from up there. Holy moly.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna search for everyone here.
Oh, nah. No, you're not.
I know there was a witch taunting over there.
I'm just gonna keep jump scaring you, bruh.
Hey, dude! Wait, I see where that's coming from.
Wait, you do?
Yeah, right over here.
How do you know?
What?
Right over here.
How does he know that, Martin?
And Cash, I know you were somewhere over here. You gotta be.
I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I have no idea.
Are you this book?
No.
Okay, then what are you?
I am something that you will not ever guess.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, because I'm too goated. I'm way too good at this.
Gosh, it is so hard to see.
Wait, I could turn into that if I wanted to. Okay.
Wait, you know what?
That's good.
Well, yo, I got shady. Yo,
ya.
Wait, he caught Shady?
Oh my goodness, why did I move?
Hey, yo. Well, now Shady and Nico are seekers.
Yes, let's go.
I don't know if I like that.
What is this? What's going on?
I don't want to get caught. Oh.
No!
No!
What the skib?
Shady, come on. I was going to sneak up.
What was that?
Was Zoe just wandering in front of you?
Yeah, Zoe just walking around the open.
Oh, nah.
I was trying to sneak up on Nico.
Okay, what the toilet? Are you serious right now, bro?
Who is in this radius?
I will find you. I just want to live till the end.
What radius are you talking about?
Yo, I know there's someone over here, and I know Cash went silent.
Nuh-uh.
Yo, who's this?
I'm not going silent.
Oh, that's nobody.
What, the toilet?
Yo, there's someone here.
There's nobody around you. I think you're just going crazy, bro.
Wait, I'm gonna throw one over here. Let's see what happens.
How can you tell?
Oh, I see. He has cool ability, huh?
What ability is it?
Okay, toilet.
Okay, so there's definitely someone over here.
I jump scared Zoe.
No!
Where is he? Tell us now.
Where's Cash?
She doesn't know. She doesn't know where I am. And you'll never know.
I actually don't know. I will find you.
No matter how far you hide away from.
This seems suspicious.
Yeah, true that.
I got jump scared. Can you see me?
What?
He's somewhere up here.
You got jump scared?
Can you see me?
Mia got jump scared. Uh-oh, skibbity.
He's on a roof because he can see from far away. Is he over there?
I honestly don't know if my spot's even that good.
He's on a roof?
Where are the jump pads at?
To be honest. I don't know if I will be able to win this.
Is it someone?
What?
How'd you know?
What?
No.
It's gonna be really close.
I'm silly.
You are very silly, Zoe.
Where is he? I can't tell where he is.
Is Shady the one with the yellow shirt?
Yes.
Okay. Interesting and good to know.
You can see Shady?
Maybe I do, maybe I don't.
I'm looking now.
Alright, I have no idea where this guy is.
I'm not gonna tell you though.
I don't see him.
I just have to stay in my spot and hope that I don't get hit by some random rock.
What?
Uh-oh.
They're not rocks, they're potatoes.
Wait.
Oh, they're potatoes? Really?
Wait, a decoy? I'm confused.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not a decoy.
Wait, there was something here, right? Ah!
Uh-oh.
Where is he? Where is he?
Nothing, but I may have hit them.
Is he over here somewhere?
He's over here. He's gotta be over here.
Ah, I'm the watermelon.
Where is he?
Oh my gosh!
Y'all kept running over me.
Literally barely till.
The watermelon.
Or I was lettuce. I don't know if that's even a watermelon.
You're cabbage.
Oh.
It's a watermelon!
Okay, now I believe Shady's the seeker, and we only have 20 seconds to hide, so we gotta go.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Little pig, let me in.
Never.
No.
Don't you worry about us.
We have 10 more seconds. Are you serious? What?
Oh, yeah, this is just not enough hiding time. What, the Martin?
This might be a bad idea, but it might be funny.
Okay, I hope my idea isn't too bad.
Oh, bad idea.
I chose a certain prop, but I won't give any specifics to what it is.
Okay. I'm in a decent spot.
Oh, no.
I'm just gonna use my decoys on him and jump scare him and do whatever. Although I don't even see him yet. Oh, never mind. I do see him. He's on a roof. Hey, yo. Martin?
I hope he didn't just see me walk around.
Zoe, I saw you.
What, you did?
Maybe.
Oh.
Shady, you will never find me in this position.
Dude, where are y'all?
He's a Martin position. We just must all keep silent. Don't give him any hints. What was that? Oh, he threw a chicken, didn't he? Okay, interesting. Wait, I can see everyone's abilities as well if I click tab. What, the Martin? Well, that's interesting.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Because I think he's near me.
Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. If he's near you, then he can use his chicken to probably kill you. Bro, is he running into stuff?
Yes.
Pretty sure I just heard a chicken as well.
Where are y'all?
Nowhere? We're not gonna tell you. Nico will tell you, though.
Nico, tell me.
No, I won't tell you.
Ah, he doesn't want to.
Nico?
Nico, you tell him right now. I'm just kidding. Don't give it away.
Ooh.
Dude, where are you guys?
I'm not even sure if he has a good spot or not.
I literally can't find any of you.
I know, it is hard. But at least you get a hit marker whenever you do hit one of them. I think I have a goated spot, because you would not expect me to even be here.
Where is the little Martin Skibbities?
Nowhere. You have 3 minutes. And I kind of want to try getting inside that tall building right there.
Oh.
No! Oh!
Ah, Zoe got caught. What was she?
She was the lettuce thingy.
Lettuce?
Cabbage.
Oh, you tried the cabbage strat.
I wanted it to work. Oh.
Oh, nah. Are you for serious, Zoe?
I know Cash saw me, so where are you?
Nowhere?
Do this!
Maybe I was lying. Maybe I didn't actually see you.
I feel like you're lying.
I could have just been bluffing. Who knows? And maybe I was.
I see Shady. Who is this? Oh, that's nobody.
I'll be real. I don't see anyone yet. Oh, wait. I see Zoe.
He's on a roof.
Oh, yeah.
I can't tell if something's real or not.
I do see both of them.
You're close, but no dice.
No dice?
You're hot. You're cold. You're cold, Shady.
What?
Oh, I thought you were talking to me. Hot, but like warm. I'd say warm.
Oh.
Shady, yeah, you're not close to me at all.
I really want to know where Nico is. I think he's the only person I haven't seen yet.
Is this a person?
That means he's got a goated spot.
I don't even know where you guys are.
Cash, give me a hint.
Bro, where are you?
I cannot give you a hint.
Oh gosh, give me a hint or you bunt.
Nah. Okay, I'll give you a hint. I am outside somewhere. I don't know what other hint you want me to give you without making it obvious.
You know, I'll give you a hint too. I'm also outside.
Oh my goodness.
Well, Mia just got killed by a body slam.
Oh no.
A body slammed Mia.
Yeah, I could do that.
Bro is way too heavy.
Dude, where are these guys?
Nowhere. Nowhere near you, of course.
Whoa, it made noise.
You Martin.
I just need another 1 minute and 14 seconds to survive. Please. Please, Martin. Also, I didn't realize how big this map was. There's a barrier at the edges, but not really much else.
Where are these skibbity toilets in Ohio?
Where are the Ohio toilets?
Is this a person?
What's a hit marker look like?
It's like a red.
Yeah, it shows you where the prop is.
Bro.
Nico's been silent. Where is he at?
There's just nothing to say because my spot is goated.
I have the perfect next spot if I get caught. I just gotta make sure I get out of there in time. I know.
JD, have you really not found anyone?
Bro, I found Mia and Zoe.
I'm just saying I'm looking at you right now.
Nah.
Where is he?
Uh-oh. Did they hear that?
Where are you?
Don't tell me y'all heard that.
I'm looking.
Okay, you guys are near me.
Oh, you're near Nico.
Yeah.
Well, then catch him.
You inside?
Cash, where are you?
Where is this blardy?
Where is this Martin toilet? In Ohio? Okay, I don't have a lot of health. I'm moving around.
Where?
I'm a lantern.
I was on the roof as a buck.
Bro.
This is so difficult.
I'm stuck to it. Oh.
I was a blue buck on our blue roof.
Nah.
Nah.
You're buns for that.
The banana.
Okay, buddy.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we said yes to literally everything in 60 seconds. No matter what it was, we had to answer everyone that came to our door. And whenever somebody asked us something, we had to provide for them. So let's see if we can actually beat the game, even though we're playing super risky. All right, the saying yes only challenge starts now. But first, I have to scavenge for a bunch of items. So it's time to start running. Give me that. Yeah, come on.
Grab it.
I'm gonna grab Timmy first. Dude, how do I grab him?
Oh, it looks like you chose the wrong game mode.
No, the timer didn't start yet. Don't worry, Mia. You're freaking out for no reason.
Oh man, some of my yelling was unnecessary.
I'm throwing the briefcase in there. Yo, Mary Jane, enough with the tuba. Give me that. Give me the checkers board.
Go, 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 go.
We'll get that little fire axe that I saw. I'm running into everything right now. Oh my god. We need some water. I'll take that. I'll take some soup.
You gotta scavenge faster.
Dude, I'm trying my best right now. Okay, Dolores, you're coming with. I see a gas mask. It's on the wall. Throw that in there. Give me that gas mask.
You need food.
Okay, I need water. Food. Give me all the soup. Okay, who am I missing?
I think you have every character. You have everyone.
Okay. I can grab more stuff from here then. Bathroom. Give me all that soup. Oh gosh, wait, there's a gun in there. I kind of want that. Oh, I'll take that actually.
No time, no time.
No time? I have time. I have time for one more thing. Look at this. I'm in.
You got so lucky.
That was like 0.1 second away. Oh my god. Okay, so now we have to say yes to literally everything that comes to our door.
That's doable.
Every prompt that it gives us, we're gonna do yes and hope that we can actually survive 100 days.
We are so dead.
Day number 1. All of us made it into the shelter, and let's see how much we got. We got one gun, some bullets. That was in the suitcase that I grabbed, so thank goodness I got that.
Oh.
Time to ration supplies. We don't need to do any of that, and they're all gonna be good on day 1. We literally don't have to feed them anything. They're gonna survive.
We have too many people in this shelter.
Yeah, true. 4 people, but it's okay. We can send people out on expeditions whenever we want, so it's fine. Nobody needs any food for like the first 4 or 5 days. But it's saying, should we start preparing an expedition? Gonna have to say yes.
Yeah.
We're pretty sure Mary Jane had her birthday 2 weeks ago, but it turns out it's today. Should we get her something a young lady trapped in a tiny shelter will enjoy? Yes, we'll give her the poison.
No, we need that.
I know we need it, but we have to say yes, no matter what happens. We say yes. Did Mary Jane eat the poison or something? Kids these days are all about spray deodorants. Ew, she used it as deodorant? Oh, nah.
That's gross.
Some water for Timmy would be nice. He's chilling. He doesn't need anything. Now it's time to choose someone to go on the expedition, though. Who should we choose?
Dolores is goated, I'm gonna be honest.
That is true. And we can give her a briefcase, a gas mask, checkers, an axe, a gun. I say we give her a briefcase with maybe some water?
Do we have an extensive amount of water?
I don't think so, but I think we have a lot of food, so we can give her a soup can.
All right, hopefully she comes back.
All right, let's do it. Dolores, please cook and bring back 1,000,000 items. We're on day 4. I don't think anybody needs to eat just yet. I think our rule is 5 days in between, right?
Yes, 5 days in between.
It does say that Timmy and Mary Jane need water. Same with Ted.
Hover over their heads.
Wait, dehydration.
Maybe we feed them on day 4 and then day 9.
Oh, I like that strat. All right, let's do it. We feed all of them water.
Oh yeah, they're not even hungry.
Timmy and Mary Jane need some physical exercise. Letting them run outside in the wasteland seems a bit too adventurous, but they could play tag in the shelter. Should we let the kids play? Yes, we have to let the kids play because I say yes to everything. Oh, this is gonna be bad. I swear, if y'all break something, you're both going on an expedition together. All right.
I think we're good.
Mary Jane and Timmy ran around way too fast. They crashed into each other and fell to the ground. Good for them. Now someone has to clean up this mess. Okay, did anything get lost? No, we're good. good. We didn't lose any supplies, and nobody is dehydrated anymore, so we're chilling.
Okay, I think we're good there.
A knock on the door is not something we take lightly these days. A man came to our doorstep offering us highly profitable game of cards. Well, I cannot give him anything.
Oh, we can't even do it.
I would have said yes if we had him available, but that's okay. Are we still surviving? It's day 6.
We're good.
Okay, maybe we can get past a full week. All right, so we didn't end up doing the cards. Ted's starting to get hungry. Nothing's new with Mary Jane, and Timmy's chilling too. Ted's just hungry, but he's not starving, so I don't think we need to feed him yet.
Yeah, I think everyone's good.
Easy. It's high time we stopped wondering about what's going on and started asking questions. Should we tune into a radio station? Well, if we had a radio, we definitely could, but we don't.
Yeah, we can't afford those yet.
It's gonna ask us to use the radio probably 20 more times during this playthrough.
Maybe Dolores brings one back.
Oh, that's true. Okay. It says Ted's stomach is rumbling. He needs water to survive. Mary Jane wants something to drink, and she wants food. Timmy wants water, but I don't think any of them are starving or dehydrated.
Yeah, I think they're fine for now.
Yeah, definitely. Y'all will get food in a couple days. Don't worry about it. If there's one way to get our attention, it's definitely banging on our shelter door. Whoever it is, they're quite persistent. They've been at it for 5 minutes. Should we open? We have to say yes, unfortunately. Oh, God. Are we going to die? Are we literally going to die on day 7?
Please don't kill us.
I swear. Oh, God, we're sick. No.
No.
Ted, and he's dehydrated. Look at him. Poor guy. We need him. He's the main character. Timmy's also dehydrated. And Mary Jane. Okay. Wait, they gave us 2 water.
Oh, wait, that's actually good.
Oh, that's a W. But opening the hatch gave us some awful sickness. Okay, so Ted's sick, and it looks like everybody's dehydrated. So, you know what? I'm going to give everyone water. Doesn't look like any of them are starving, though. So, should I take away Ted's food?
I would give him food only because he's sick, and I feel bad for him.
That is true. We don't have a med kit for him, so we're not going to be able to heal him just yet. Mary Jane has been awful silent today. This is very unlike her. Should we try talking to her?
I guess.
Of course.
It's risky because she might get sick too.
Yeah, true. If she gets sick, then we got to send her out. Oh, Dolores is back.
Medkit!
Oh my goodness. She's the goat. Act like she don't know. We were glad to see Dolores come back safely from the wasteland. We found our way to a nearby hospital, which despite heavy structural damage is still standing. It looks like the hospital was not a good expedition, but we got a soup can and a med kit.
Oh, dude, she's so goated.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Dolores. So should we heal Ted or should we wait?
I say we hold off on it, and if he doesn't get better, then we will.
Yeah, that's true. We also got a lot of food to spare now.
We have so much.
All right. Should we start preparing for an expedition? Yes.
We pretty much have to. We gotta say yes.
We can't send Ted out, though, because he's sick, and it's only going to get worse. So I'm saying Mary Jane.
Yeah, Mary Jane.
All right. Should we give her food before?
Nah, she'll be fine. She's just answering the phone.
Okay.
She'll come back inside.
Or turn into a mutant. Mutant Mary Jane is honestly pretty cool. I kind of want to see that.
I heard it's quite rare.
It's not that rare. You just got to send her out on a ton of expeditions.
Oh, that makes sense. No, she has to get bit by a spider.
Oh. We answered the phone. We could clearly hear a gasp of relief. A town of survivors, and the call got cut short. Huh. Okay. Mary Jane's starving. It looks like everybody's kind of struggling right now. Dolores is starving. Mary Jane is starving. Timmy is starving. All right. Should I just feed these 3 then?
Yeah, I would do that.
All right. Well, I guess you guys are starving, and we can send Mary Jane outside. We might as well give her water as well, too, right?
Yeah, I would give her water.
But she's not even thirsty.
Like, I know we should do it every 5 days, but I feel like we're wasting stuff because they're not even thirsty.
Yeah, true. I'm not even sure if it'll help, so I'll just give her food. We can give Mary Jane a gas mask.
Give her birthday present.
The rat poison?
Yeah.
Okay.
Enjoy your present outside.
Have fun, Mary Jane. Hopefully that protects you on your expedition. Some rat poison. She could use it like mace. I don't know.
True.
What do we got going? Mary Jane went on the expedition. Something should be done about Ted's sickness. Do you think we should heal him?
Yeah, I think now we should. He's not getting better.
Okay, so Ted is hungry, sick, and thirsty. We'll heal you, buddy.
Ted always wants something.
Is dehydrated, so we'll give her water. Timmy is chilling. He's just thirsty and hungry. You could deal with it for another day.
You'll be fine, Timmy.
Timmy, you'll be all right. You're a young boy, and we can't do the radio, so we're gonna have to skip that. All right, day 12. Please tell me everything's good. Yes.
Oh, thank goodness.
Oh my God. W. Ted. He's recovered from his sickness, but he needs to get a drink right now. Timmy's in terrible shape. We need to give him water now. I'll be the judge of that. Okay, yeah, Ted's actually dehydrated.
Maybe a little water.
Yeah, I think you're right. And Timmy. Okay, nobody's starving, right?
I think everybody's good.
Just some water. We are running low on it, though, so we gotta be careful. This is insane. We keep finding spiders everywhere. They're in our soup, in our water. We swear some of them keep coming back, and they're bigger every time we see them. It can't go on like like this. It's time to wage war. Well, we gave away the rat poison.
No, I'm so glad we used the med kit or we would have had to use it here.
Oh, that's true.
Oh, thank goodness.
I feel like we should not have given Mary Jane the bug spray, though.
No, because we want the spiders to bite her so she becomes a mutant.
That's true. When she comes back, she's definitely going to become a mutant. All right, we decided we can get rid of the spiders with our bare hands. Ew. Yo, nasty. At least use your shoes. Okay, well, the spiders are still alive. They try to catch most of them, but it looks like Ted looks very weak. If he doesn't eat today, it might end really badly. And he has starvation. Doesn't look like anyone else is struggling. Ted, come on. You got to lock in, dude. You getting sick? Dehydrated?
I know.
Oh, my guy.
All he did was open the door.
If we care about the future of our kids, we need to start homeschooling Timmy. Or maybe shelter schooling is the right choice of words. We need to provide him with some reading material. Yeah, you can read some checkers, Timmy. I don't know how you read checkers, but it'll help him learn.
Oh, he is so sad.
I don't think he liked the checkers at all. Good thing we have those checkers. They had an instruction sheet. Oh. Wow, I hope he does well in his future.
He looks so sad. Look at his face on the side.
Yeah, true. Okay, well, Ted's hungry, Dolores is starving, and Timmy is starving. Oh my god.
We could low-key hold them out one more day till 15.
We're gonna hold him out one more day.
They live here.
When emptying our bucket in front of the shelter, we discovered a drawn map on one of the ruined walls. Should we go check it out?
Send Timmy.
Yeah, Timmy, you go check it out for us. Or Dolores. Dolores is honestly the goat.
Yeah.
But if we messed up right here by not feeding her, then we're cooked.
No, we're good. Yeah, okay.
All right, now we can feed you guys. Yo, who drew that?
It was Timmy.
It was a prank. We did not find anything in the marked spot, but at least we didn't run into any bandits. Okay, well, I guess it's time to feed you guys. Ted, you're chilling. Dolores, you are starving and dehydrated. Jeez.
We'll get them back on day 5.
Timmy's starting. Okay, yeah, I agree with that. We played a game of list the things you hate the most, and our neighbor's name kept coming up for some reason. That reminded us that the little weasel had a safe in his living room. We always wondered what's inside. Maybe now's the time to find out. Who should go out? Timmy. Timmy, go get us $1 million from that safe, please. I'm not sure how useful money would be, but something useful, please.
He's the goat.
Did he actually bring something?
He brought back the Boy Scout book.
Oh my god. I love it. One Boy Scout book. Now he can read that. Get his homeschooling up. Ted's dehydrated. Dolores is tired and hungry. Timmy's dehydrated.
Ted, you are dramatic.
Should we hold them out?
We could low-key hold them out one day.
I agree with that. It worked last time.
Might as well.
All right, you guys will get water tomorrow. Ever since we jumped into our fallout shelter, we've been wondering about that other door in the shelter. Should it even be here? Where does it lead? It's high time we checked it out. Okay.
This is risky.
It is risky, but we have to say yes to everything.
This is where injuries occur.
I just heard a gunshot. What was that?
Who's injured?
Oh my god, Ted.
No one.
Boy, you need a shave.
Ted, cut your hair.
Ah, it's back. Oh my god.
Who keeps trying that?
I have no idea. Okay, I think everybody is dehydrated except for Dolores, so we can give water to both of these.
And then Ted's starving as well.
Yeah, Ted's been starving too, so we definitely need to feed him.
Gosh, Ted.
So dramatic, but you're the main character, so I guess it's fine. We're not alone. There's a huge hairy bunny beast that seems to be hiding in one of the pipes. It's been poking its head out, eyeing our measly food stash. What do we use to kill the bunnies, the axe or the rifle? I say the axe.
I say the axe. It's more likely to come back.
True, and the rifle is honestly really important. We need to use it against bandits or something.
I agree.
Day 18, and Mary Jane's back.
Our goat!
What did she bring? A padlock?
So much.
Empty first aid kit. Oh, okay, hold on. Let's see. She did not lose the bug spray, which is good.
Oh my gosh.
We got a padlock from Mary Jane. Thank you very much. What else did we get? A map. Thank you very much. Wow, Mary Jane, honestly, thank you so much.
No food or water, though.
Yeah, true. I don't think anybody needs it. Timmy's starving, but he can hold out another day, right?
Can he? Oh, whoa, let's not push it. He might die.
He wasn't starving yesterday. This is the first day he's starving, so we can hold him out. All right, should we start preparing an expedition? We can't really lose Ted, or else it's game over.
I know, but we have to say yes.
Yeah, that's true. So we're gonna have to send Ted out.
Wait, okay, so then we should go back and maybe try to get someone some energy.
Everybody's tired, so none of them can go on an expedition.
Let's give Timmy food and water.
Are you sure? What about just food?
We need him to go out tomorrow. If Ted goes out, he will probably die.
Okay, true. All right, we're gonna start the expedition tomorrow. Let's hope Timmy feels better. Come on.
Get some energy, Timmy, please. Please.
Yes! Oh my goodness! You actually cooked. He's back to normal.
We have to send him out. We cannot send out Ted.
Wow, that was actually the most W play in the world. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Timmy, you are getting sent out in the expedition. Nobody... Oh gosh, Dolores.
She can make it till day 20. We did her on day 15.
True. And Mary Jane can also make it. Oh, Timmy, you're the goat. Should we feed him before we send him out?
No, he'll be fine.
Yeah, true. You literally just ate yesterday.
He might die here.
Oh, poor Timmy. Let's at least give him something to use. What do you think?
Send him out with the checkers.
Nah. All right, buddy, you're getting the checkers. Should we give him a water too?
Sure, why not?
I trust him. I trust you, Timmy.
Timmy, please come back.
Yeah, please. We don't want to lose you. Oh, this is messed up. We just sent the little boy out. What happened to all our water? Why is there empty bottles everywhere? Timmy went out to the wasteland. We don't know what we'll do if he doesn't come back. All right. Well, let's see who's starving and thirsty. Dolores, as always. Mary Jane.
Let's put them both on day 20.
All right. So all of this?
Yes, unfortunately.
Yeah, they're both starving and dehydrated, but Ted's chilling for once, so.
That's true. Dude, Timmy needs to come back with stuff or we're in a very bad spot.
I know. Wait, what is this?
Oh, no.
A young lady all dressed in white has visited us today. She wants us to come help her twin brother, and if we help her, we won't regret it. All right, Mary Jane.
This is gonna lead to a quick ending, unfortunately.
Are you sure?
I think this is one of the endings, but no one dies. I don't think anyone dies.
Okay, Mary Jane, I want you to go help out that twin brother. We have to say yes, no matter what, and I heard a gunshot. What just happened?
I don't know.
The woman called a group of friends, and we set out for what turned to be a successful mission. We found the lost twin brother. He was hanging on top of some antenna next to the fence. He lost a hand, but they tended to his injuries, and he'll be just fine. They thanked us 100 times and said they would definitely contact us again. Cap, Ted's dehydrated, Dolores is chilling, Mary Jane is chilling.
Ted, he could last one more day, but I don't know what that'll do.
Do you think we should hold him out?
It's risky because if Ted dies, the run's over. He's the character we are playing.
That's what I'm saying. I think just in case, we should give him some water.
Yeah, we keep him alive.
Yeah, Ted, you are important. After all the days we spent down here, we're not exactly clean. We smell really bad. We're about to get sick, so why not take a shower? We don't have soap, but there are other alternatives. Do we use the bug spray again? How do we use ammunition to clean ourselves?
I'm assuming the gunpowder within, but I don't know what that does. So probably the bug spray?
Yeah, let's use the bug spray. I think you're right. I want to see Mary Jane turn into a mutant anyway, so.
We need spiders.
Day 22. Oh, yeah. All right. Man, Ted looks awful. Is he balding?
I think so.
Oh, poor guy. Okay, we use the bug spray to clean ourselves, so nobody will get sick, hopefully. Dolores has rested.
Yay!
So, does that mean, okay, she's starving, but she's not tired. Mary Jane. Ted is fatigued, so he really needs food, I'm guessing. Didn't we just give him water?
Did, and we have to feed Dolores too. I thought she was gonna make it.
Yeah, me too. Well, at least she can go out on an expedition now, so we don't have to send Ted out.
True.
Since they're both starving, we're just gonna feed both of them.
Okay.
Who ate the soup? We noticed that a soup can was missing. We're absolutely sure it was there just yesterday. That can only mean one thing. We have a soup thief. Mary Jane. She's the only one that's not starving. Look.
That is so true. It definitely was her.
Mary Jane. We know you took it. What did I just hear? Is that a tiger? Please don't tell me we're dead.
What was that?
Mary Jane's going crazy. Look at her. And she's starving. Okay, let's check the book.
Oh, it wasn't her.
When confronted, Mary Jane furiously screamed it's the last time she'd try to do anything nice for us and threw a still full soup can at the wall. Spilling the contents? Mary Jane, what?
Send her home. Don't feed her or give her water anymore.
Really?
We're done with her.
All right, it was supposed to be a Thanksgiving gift for us. We felt pretty guilty, so we proceeded to not apologize. And instead, we started arguing and shouting at each other. And she threw a soup can at the wall, and now we have no food.
Exactly. No food for her.
Wow. Mary Jane, you doing too much.
Yeah, troubling times for Mary Jane.
Everyone else is chilling. We don't need to feed anyone, so... Mary Jane, if you want to go on an expedition, maybe you can cook. What's that sound? Oh no, something or someone is below us. Should we go check it out?
This is bad. This is bad.
We have to.
This is where injuries happen.
I know. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. What happened to Ted?
Oh, this is bad.
We don't have a med kit or bug spray.
We need Timmy to come back or else we're done for.
Oh, we're so cooked. We barely made it out alive. It was a giant mutated crocodile.
Oh no.
Ted was hurt. Oh god. Well, we don't have a med kit. Ted is fatigued, hungry, hurt, and thirsty.
Oh, this is bad.
We can't do much for him. Dolores is dehydrated, and Mary Jane is both starving and dehydrated.
They just gonna have to stick it out, I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, we got one water bottle. I don't think I can give anything to y'all. Before the world turned into an unforgiving dead wasteland, we were friends with almost everyone in our town, including the old man Jim. When we wanted to visit him once, he gave us an address that took us to a park. It appears that he survived the blast, since he's at our door right now asking if we want to buy a rock.
Ooh, I like rocks.
I really don't want to buy a rock, but we have to say yes, so I guess so.
Might as well.
Yo, did we just get scammed? Timmy, where are you at? Mary Jane's literally going crazy over here.
She mad.
He was eager to show us his bag filled with a rich choice of rocks, and he gave us one for free. Okay, so we got a cool looking rock, I guess.
Oh, it's supposed to bring luck.
Yeah, let's hope that's true, because we got Ted, Dolores, and Mary Jane all dehydrated.
Well, Mary Jane doesn't get anything anymore because she wasted our food.
Yeah, maybe if she didn't throw that can at the wall, we would have given her some rations. I feel like we should give Ted some water. It's day 25.
Yeah, but Dolores has been dehydrated for 2 days now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll give them both water then.
Okay, bye, Mary Jane.
We're just forgetting about Mary Jane. Oh, I feel so bad. She cooked for us on her her expedition.
She did, and we'll always appreciate her for that.
She's dead.
No, she ran away.
Oh, she did?
I think so.
Okay. Okay. Well, we couldn't use the radio. When Mary Jane found out she's not getting a single drop of water, she got furious. She stormed out into the wasteland, shouting that we'll regret this and that she's getting her water one way or another. So we lost Mary Jane.
Goodbye.
Sorry. You shouldn't have thrown the soup can. Ted, how are you still starving?
Dude, Ted, come on, man.
He can hold out for another day, right?
He wasn't starving yesterday. He was just hungry. What about Dolores, though?
Dolores is chilling. She's just hungry and tired.
Okay, also, I have a feeling Timmy's dead.
He's probably gonna die. If he doesn't come back tomorrow, we say our goodbyes.
Yeah, I agree.
If we feed Dolores, it might fix her from being fatigued, though.
Yeah, but we won't be able to start an expedition tomorrow.
Oh, true that.
We haven't found out he's dead yet.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I can't use this med kit to help you guys on whatever this is, so we're gonna have to skip this. We're in a really bad shape right now, but maybe we can make it to day 30. Oh my God, Ted, you look horrible, bruh.
Poor Ted, man. Timmy!
You were right. Timmy died.
Oh, come on.
We gave up on him. All right. Well, at least now we only have 2 people to ration between.
We have literally like half a bottle of water.
Thank goodness it's not dehydration. Should we give them food?
Yeah, we must. We must.
We must. Nobody can even go on an expedition, but maybe we can get Dolores.
The thing is, she's fatigued and tired, so I'm worried about that.
You're right. So what happens if I schedule an expedition?
We can keep scheduling them, but we don't have to go on them.
Okay. The last time we went out on an expedition, we noticed an abandoned tank just sitting out there. It looks damaged, but it might have supplies. Yes, Dolores, we want you to go investigate. Please.
She might be a ripperoni, I'm gonna be honest.
True that. She is in a really bad shape right now. Oh,
She lived and brought us nothing.
a radio.
Oh, that's not gonna help us.
How do you know? Nah. All right, which adult here drew this little kid looking drawing? Oh, wait, that's Mary Jane. That's kind of sad. I actually feel bad. Okay. I'm guessing the kids flipped through the book and drew on the other pages.
Oh, it had to be Timmy.
Look at how many attributes Ted has. Fatigued, hurt, tired, thirsty, hungry.
Dude, Ted is not doing well.
Oh, neither of them are doing well, but they're not dehydrated or starving. So I think we can hold them out. Nobody can go outside.
No.
So we must skip the expedition for today. The radio's making noise. Oh my God. Is somebody contacting us? Hello?
I don't think so.
Okay, Ted's dehydrating.
Ted's dying.
So is Dolores. He's in agony?
He's dying. We need a med kit so bad. Somebody has to go on an expedition.
Okay, should I just give him water and food?
We can, but he's in agony. We're in a bad spot.
We're in a really bad spot.
We can clutch up. We can clutch up.
Okay, you think I should feed Dolores at all?
Oh, man. I don't know.
I feel like she's our only chance at going on an expedition.
Yeah, she really is. Let's do it.
We really need someone to come to our door, though, and give us some supplies because we have no water anymore.
We need water so bad.
Oh my gosh, a sleazy looking trader. He offers us a simple one-time deal. For just 1 can of soup, we get the bag and all of its contents. Oh gosh, we have another soup can and we have to say yes. So, I mean,
Oh, wait. Start the expedition as well.
true that. I'm gonna give this guy our soup can. This could be a Hail Mary. Maybe we get something amazing.
It's not.
We got the cat. Look at him. Wow, he's so beautiful. All right, well, we lost our soup can, but we got a cat at least. Ted's still in agony. It's looking like he's probably gonna die. And Dolores is still hungry.
Dolores. Do we just feed her and try to get her to have some energy?
Or do we just save the rest of the food for Ted?
He won't survive without water.
I guess that's true. We'll feed Dolores.
Come on, Dolores, please.
We really need you to go on an expedition, like, right about now. Oh, is somebody contacting us? I hear Morse code.
Ooh.
Okay. What does that Morse code mean? Someone translate. She's still fatigued and tired.
Come on, Dolores.
Oh, gosh. We are not going to be able to do this expedition. And we can't even answer this broadcast because we don't have cards.
Oh, my.
Oh, gosh. I have a feeling Ted's going to die. I'm about to see him. No, I knew it. No! Why? Dolores, why do you have to be fatigued all the time?
What could we have done? Wait, can we still play?
No, Ted is dead. I don't think we can play unless we can.
All right.
Well, Dolores, we have no water, so you're probably going to die in a couple days, but we're going to see if we can survive without Ted.
Yeah.
Maybe someone will come to the door and help us. This cat's not really doing much. All right, Dolores, it looks like you're the only person we are caring about now, and I cannot give you anything. Sorry.
Someone's at the door, though.
Yeah, we could answer the door. We saw some friendly faces at the door. It was the siblings. They want to take our axe so that they can build a small camp.
We have nothing.
All we have is this axe, and since we have to say yes, I guess I'm giving it to them.
Please give us a water or something, please.
A water would be so clutch right now.
Oh, pretty.
We managed to chop everything. Oh my goodness. Why are they not giving us anything in return? Why? We have no water to feed Dolores. She's gonna die.
Dude, rest in peace.
I knew it. I knew it.
Oh,
We had no water.
we were poor.
Oh my god. Dolores turned into Flat Stanley. Well, at least we made it 35 days.
Honestly, not too shabby.
We said yes to literally everything.
That was hard.
I don't think that's half bad, to be honest. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today, we played Fortnite Prop Hunt, but on a Minecraft-themed map. There's 2 teams in this game, the hunters and the props. And the props have to try and blend in the entire game without getting killed. If the hunters can find every single hider, then they win. Everything in the game is gonna look like Minecraft. We're starting off on the prop team. Who's the hunter?
You're a props.
You're a props.
Oh, yeah.
Me and Peanut.
It's Mia and Peanut. Okay.
Oh my god.
They're the hunters. Oh my goodness, we have like no time. We gotta hide immediately. All right, turn me into this. Okay, this is good. This is good enough. You know what? Whatever. There we go. I got my prop set.
Okay, I'm hiding.
We're gonna see if Mia and Peanut can find us.
Okay,
They're already shooting stuff.
let's do this.
Guys, we just gotta survive for 6 minutes, and then we win. But there's also prop ping, so I don't know if my spot's the greatest, to be honest. I might need to find a better spot.
Hear nothing.
Okay. Wait, Nico, I think I see where you're at.
Oh, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Hey, bruh. Someone's about to get caught, bro. Someone's about to get caught.
Watch it, watch it, watch it.
Oh, nah.
Ah, watch it, watch it. You just...
Dad!
You brought her over to me.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Peanut, chill. Peanut, chill. I was trying to make a run for it while Mia was distracted.
I saw him.
Why does it start off with 2 hunters? That is not fair.
Help, Peanut! I'm on one.
I'm on my way.
I gotta figure out where they're hiding at now. I'm a hunter.
This is so funny.
Wait, I need to listen for the prop pings, too. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
I hear footsteps. Why do I hear footsteps? There's somebody in here.
All right, I'm a little hunter. Let's go.
Wait a second. Is that a pink sheep? Yo, yo, yo. There was someone over here. I know there was. Stay in that building, Mia.
Is this Tug 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 Sahur?
There's a tongue to her.
What is he doing in Minecraft?
Wait a second. No prop ping?
Is this a person?
That is a person, Mia.
I didn't know that was Shady Skin.
Why don't you just shoot it?
I thought it was an NPC.
Wait, do you guys hear any prop pings?
I don't hear any.
No.
I'm in the nether portal.
What? Where's Zoe at?
Nowhere.
Is that a tongue to her?
Italian brain rot? Okay, I'm not hearing anywhere where Zoe is.
I am nowhere.
I don't know.
Wait a second.
You low-key just blind, twin. I know exactly where she at.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Where? Where?
Zoe?
Zoe's nowhere.
Where are you at?
Welcome to my house.
Welcome.
I don't hear a single ping. Am I blind? Wait.
I know exactly where she at, but I just don't want to spoil it.
Okay, hold on. There's no pings. That means she's probably a human, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me see where she at. Bust through the doors. What's up, Zoe? Okay, she's not here. Never mind. Is she up here, though?
I'm leading you astray. I'm low-key looking for spots for next round.
I'm just looking around everywhere. That's true. We can also look for spots next round.
That's what the heck I'm doing, boy.
Zoe, we know you're a human.
Where's Zoe?
I'm looking.
Zoe is nowhere.
She's not around here. There's no way. Okay, hold on. Am I Buns?
No. Yeah.
I don't see her.
Zoe?
Shady, give it up.
No. Don't spoil it. If she got to go to the spot,
Come on.
then that's just because she's goated. No, not here.
No spoilers.
I have no idea.
I will say I have seen you guys.
She has seen us?
Who have you seen?
Which structure is she in?
Give us a hint.
Not here. Okay. Wait, could she be in this tree? I hear shooting.
That was somebody next to me.
Do you see her?
I mean, I don't see her.
There's no prop pings, so I'm not even shooting any props.
What the scam?
Yo, am I getting scanned right now? She's got to be in the house.
Dude, why is she in such a good spot?
Scammer gets scammed.
We got to check the house. Where's the entrance to this place? Oh my goodness, is that Tung Tung Sahur?
Is that Tung Tung Sahur?
Why is he standing? Okay, hold on. Maybe in here somewhere? Zoyer? No, not there. Up here maybe? No. Yo, am I cooked, chat?
Oh, nah.
Chat, am I cooked right now?
Okay.
Am I cooked, Chuck?
Okay.
I have no idea where she could be. Zoe, you're a human, right?
I don't even see her.
No, I'm not a human, actually.
Wait, what?
We just haven't been near the spot long enough to hear the ping.
What? I have seen you guys.
Ain't no way. I have not heard a single prop ping.
Me either.
All right, maybe I should start listening for them more then. Hold on.
Open your ears, baby.
Okay, what? No prop ping over here. Let's go to this corner. Gotta listen.
Are you moving around?
No.
What are you guys doing on that house?
Wait, what?
Nice roof, right?
Wait, what?
Nice roof.
Oh my gosh.
No prop ping?
She's trying to brace it.
None of you guys have heard a prop ping yet?
Nothing.
No.
No, I haven't.
Are they broken?
No way.
Or maybe it's because she's the last one.
I mean, I've yet to hear a prop ping this game.
They must be broken.
But that's okay. We will keep searching.
Yeah, we just gotta search better then.
Start shooting everything.
Oh, wait. I thought I saw her. Never mind.
Ba, 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 ba.
Honestly, the no prop pings make it more fair. Because then we actually got to search.
Should I give you guys a hint?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tung tung sahari.
Wait, what?
Ain't no way.
Are you serious? Tung Tung Sahur?
I see some inside of here, so I'm shooting those as well.
Is she actually one of them?
No.
She's next to one of them, though. She's got to be, right?
La 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 boo boo la.
Yo, she's going to win. She's going to win. You found her?
Where?
I just walked out.
Oh.
I didn't want to reveal the spot.
She was by
No.
the area. You know what I'm saying?
Said it no. Said no.
Okay, well played. Now I know to just start shooting everything instead of running around.
WP.
What? All right, prop time again.
It's Mia and Zoe.
Oh, this is gonna go horrendously.
Wait, Mia and Zoe this time?
We're doomed.
Okay.
I don't have sound on.
Zoe, why do you not have sound on?
Because I don't like playing with sound.
Oh, nah.
To be fair, there was no prop pig, so we're
I'm listening to the Ninjago soundtrack.
Wait, what? What was that?
What was what? Can I get over here?
Go.
All right.
Time to murder, time to murder.
Find them.
I found my goated spot now. I swear there's prop pings now.
Can you hear? I can't hear anything. Hold on.
I'm hearing prop pings on this side. Okay. Yo, my spot's goated.
Oh my gosh, no! Someone's glitching it through the floor!
Wait, really?
They're a giant bar!
No, that's not us. That's not us.
What?
That's like actually a glitch in the map. Has been that way.
Oh.
Yeah, they not like us, Loki.
Okay, bruh. I'm hearing prop pings now. This is weird.
I am not.
Who is this?
What the heck is that, Zoe?
I really want to see where they're at.
Look out!
Yo.
Zoe, it's just a glitch. Just ignore that.
Stop lying to me!
It's a game feature, bruh. Don't worry. Don't trip.
Guys are gaslighting.
My spot is so good.
I am.
Dude, Shady, do you see where I am? Dude.
Hello? Who's throwing boogie bombs?
Watch it, Zoe. Watch it.
I'm watching it!
Oh, I heard a ping. Wait, I heard a ping.
Wait, you can hear pings?
I heard one. Someone's upstairs in this house, I think.
Dwayne, no way, boy.
Guys, stop doing this to me! Where are you going?
So do you just have to be way closer to hear the pings then? That would make a lot of sense.
Yeah, I think so.
Ah, okay, Skibbity.
Oh wait, this is the go. This is the go to strategy. Wait, no, this is. Hold on, like this. Yeah, GG's.
Get me out of here, get me out of here, get me out of here.
Get him! He's running as a lamp!
No, I'm not, no, I'm not. Oh, Skibbity.
I see you!
Get away, get away, get away, get away.
Come here, come here, come here, come here.
I saw him. He went in the house.
Is this you? Is this you?
I did not go anywhere.
Nope.
I'm not going anywhere.
Find him, find him, find him.
You guys will never find me. I'm too goated. I'm too goated.
He's somewhere in this. I found him!
I'm too goated.
He's in! He ran! He's run! He's a runner! He's a runner!
Get your boogie bob!
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Nowhere.
I think he's inside. I'm throwing.
Oh, he's right there!
Where is he?
Get me out.
He's a runner!
I am not a runner.
Come here, Cash.
I'm not running anywhere.
Okay, I lost him. I lost him.
I'm too good. I'm too good at running. Yo, I'm so cooked.
Where did he go?
Nowhere. Guys, they're on me.
I see him!
I'm wasting their time.
I know they're on y'all.
Oh no! Oh no!
Come on! Aim, aim, aim! Yeah!
I ran for so long.
GG's. Game's over.
Oh gosh.
We're not getting the others.
What do you mean you're not getting the others?
Dude, they're inside the walls.
Wait, where? Show me.
They're like somewhere down here where... Okay, so pretty much you'll see a wood block randomly here.
Nico, I'm in a better spot than you.
I know you are.
What is this? Wait, what?
You see them?
I do. I see like this plank that you're talking about. Just shoot everywhere. Wait, how did they get under?
That's what I'm saying.
Wait,
Jaggy, run!
Ain't no way.
wait, Shady, where are you going?
Wait, where's he going? Where's he going?
Boy, oi, oi. I'm just going on a stroll, bro. I'm good.
Stop running.
I see him going somewhere.
Yo, this is cursed. What am I even looking at?
Wait.
Underground entrance?
Oh.
I got one!
Oh, you got Nico.
How'd you get him?
Wait a second.
I was shooting at the ground.
It's too funny every time.
Where did Shady go? How did he find a way out as that big looking thing?
I want to see it from the hunter's perspective.
It looks so funny. It's just a giant plank.
Can you guys still see my plank?
No.
No.
I think you actually glitched it.
Dude, the thing is, I'm not even underground, bro. Like, I'm literally just chilling.
What did he turn into?
I found the peanut. Let's go.
Okay, good. Now we just gotta somehow get Shady.
It's just Shady.
All right. I won't cheat too hard, but I'll start running around.
All right. Let's see if we can. Oh, I see you. Oh, okay. There we go.
Dang, just like that.
That was insane.
We cooked Zoe.
That
Zoe. Me and Zoe.
I love becoming something obnoxiously big.
Oh, I'm a hunter this round. It's me and Nico.
I'm a hunter too. Okay.
Oh, let's go.
Wow, I would like to phrase it. I'm hunting to press it.
I can finally play.
All right. Not for long, though, because we're going to find you.
No, please.
Oh, yeah. Nether portal. Yeah, activate. We got 3 seconds. Get me in that portal.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Go, go, go.
The hunt is on.
All right, I heard someone
Already?
over here. Yeah.
You might have heard me.
There's somebody over here.
Wait. I hear that ping, too.
Wait, yo.
He was at the beginning?
Bro, y'all goofy, bro.
Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
All right, no pings right here.
Dude, that would have been a legendary spot too if the ping didn't go off.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Wait, is there somebody in here somewhere? Hello? Prop ping? Help me? No one over there. Okay. What about in this gym equipment?
We must hide.
I heard something.
No, you didn't.
I heard something.
All right, I'm looking on the other side of the map right now.
I swear I heard something.
No, you didn't, Cash. You didn't. Oh, you did.
Oh, I did. It was Zoe.
Wait, that means the Peanut and me are the only ones left.
Oh, no.
I gotta search this room. Let's see.
Oh,
Anyone in here?
I just put down the peanut.
You cracked the peanut?
I heard a prop ping over here at my destination.
Okay.
No, wait.
Rendezvous to his location. Go. Hello?
Where's it at?
You hear it?
I'm not hearing it.
I'm scared.
I'm not hearing it anymore.
Did you lie?
No, I'm 100%.
I don't want to die.
Oh, we're here.
Let me listen.
Oh, gosh.
Is it the pink sheep? Oh, wait, no, it's inside the shop.
It's in the shop?
I think so.
Oh, you skibbity Mia. Oh!
I don't know what to do.
It's gotta be this TNT block sticking out.
No, it's one.
I'm trying to stay hidden.
Tung. Wait.
Oh, got her.
Oh, she was a cripper.
Yeah.
Crepper.
Oh my god, Mary.
Wow, that's a fast round.
Crepe. I want to be a prop. Yes.
I'm a hunter.
Oh, yeah.
Who's the hunters?
Mia and Mia.
Nico and Peanut?
Me again.
Oh, Nico and Mia. Okay.
I like it.
I like it a lot.
I don't mind being a hunter.
Where do I go?
Okay, Skibbity. Let's see what I can turn into. I don't like my options right now.
Let's find them.
Let's turn into this for now. Why not? Okay, this might not be the best location. I ain't gonna lie.
Go!
I may have to be very careful.
I'm really hidden.
Are you?
I think Shady wants to be a hunter.
Yeah, he does?
I also heard someone else here.
Wait, what?
Who's a prop.
Nico, that was just rude.
Wait a second.
Sorry, Zoe.
Oh, they're gonna fight.
Yeah, we're fighting.
They're gonna fight the next time they see each other.
Yeah, we are gonna fight the next time we see each other.
2 more to go.
We're fighting the next time we see each other.
We're fighting!
Can I turn into this?
Cash spending 24 hours being mad at Nico now.
Wait. Mia, let me cook for a second. Hold on.
I'm gonna let you cook, but I'll remember this.
Okay, you could remember. Just let me try and cook here.
Oh, Peanut.
Wait.
Where are you?
I'm hiding.
He's hiding, Mia. Don't shoot me.
Where are you?
Why am I looking at a fence?
It's me. I'm just trying to see if this will like... That doesn't even look good. That just looks like buns.
Yo, that's what I got killed with
I'm running out.
at the beginning of the round last time.
Oh, okay. I'm running out.
Dance. Dance.
Oh, wait. That's actually the strat. You can see the disco ball where they're standing at.
Yeah, and now you're gonna help us crack the peanut.
All right. I know where Zoe is, but I don't want to give it away.
Zoe's dead.
Oh, Zoe's dead.
Yo, Zoe has already been dead.
I heard a ping.
I know, it's somewhere inside.
Wait a second. Zoe, where were you hiding?
Nowhere.
What do you mean?
Nowhere.
Were you the one on the roof or no?
No, I wasn't on. Wait, I wasn't on a roof. That was me.
So it's Peanut. I know where he is, but I don't see him.
No, you don't.
How are y'all hearing pings?
I just saw him when I was on the other team. He was all the way up here, but I have no idea how.
I'm so scared.
Is he in the attic?
He in the shark?
He's got to have found a way. Hey, yo, Peanut.
Wait.
We gonna crack you.
No, you're not.
I swear it was somewhere up here. Wait, maybe not. Am I tripping?
Yeah.
Oh my god, baby.
Oh, we killed him.
I didn't know that was him.
Oh, let's go. It's Mia again.
Of course.
Run from Mia. Run it back.
Yes.
I just want to hide and try out spots.
Who's the other hunter?
Ain't gonna happen.
Me.
Oh, Peanut.
They said, oh, no.
Oh, no. We're not getting a dog. All right. I think I have my spot. It might be goated. It might not be goated. I don't know.
Let's lock in, Peanut.
Lock in.
Go.
Martin. All right. I see Mia. I don't see Peanut. I don't know where he's at right now.
Okay. Oh, really now?
Wait, what? How? Oh, nah. He camped the start.
I heard it.
All right, well, I guess I'm a hunter now. Fine. I don't even know where everyone else is, to be honest. I tried to look. Wait, who's laughing? No prop pings?
They might be humans.
They could be humans.
There's like, okay, I think half of them are humans and then one person's a prop.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, something like that.
What am I looking at?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Something like that.
There's a giant basketball hoop.
No way. Oh, there's 2 basketball hoops. Hey, there's 3.
Interesting.
This is not how basketball works.
Michael!
Make him dance. Make him dance.
Oh, man.
Nene for you get a whooping. Okay, where's Zoe though?
Not my proudest spot, not gonna lie.
Zoya?
She's by me. I hear the ping. I just don't know which way.
Couldn't find anything that game.
No, I'm not.
Do you know the way?
I heard the ping. Like, it's quiet, but I heard it from right here.
Let's listen. Zoe,
No. You hear that?
are you around?
Is it this way? She's over here.
Wait, what? I didn't hear nothing.
I don't have directional audio. I have that G930.
Nah.
Nah, it's not directional.
Wait, okay. There it is over here.
I'm not hearing any prop pings. Am I buns?
She's right there.
Oh.
Peanut, that actually was her.
Oh, Zoe, good spot, Zoe. Good spot.
Ain't no way.
I was just hanging out.
It's gonna be me, watch. Oh, I guess not.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, finally, I'm a prop. I'm a prop.
It's Shady.
It's time to hunt.
Time to cook.
Yes.
I like my odds. All right, what do I want to become though? Can I become this? I can. Oh, yes. I love it.
Oh my skibbity, my McDonald's is here.
Oh, nah. Zoe, you got McDonald's right now?
Yeah.
Okay, how do I do this?
All right, let's go right here.
How do I do this?
I have my perfect spot. You'll never be able to find me ever.
Where are you?
Where they at, though?
Where are you?
I'm scared.
Hey, yo, Peanut, say it.
Where are you?
It's perfect.
I'm so sorry.
Wait, who's the other hunter with Shady?
Me. So yeah.
Oh, Zoya. Nah, Zoe gotta grab her McDonald's. Go get your McDonald's. Don't hunt.
What is this?
No, I need to hunt and then get my McDonald's as a reward.
Oh, nah.
McDonald's reward.
That's a pretty fire reward. I'm not gonna lie.
I want my Happy Meal, man.
How am I supposed to hit this dude, bruh?
Hey, what you got in your mouth?
How am I supposed to hit that dude?
Wait, I don't even know if they'll be able to find me.
I see you, Zoya. I don't see you anymore.
Yo.
What is that?
What the skibbity?
Get him, Zoe.
What is that?
Boogie bomb him, boogie bomb him.
Oh, bye.
Well, Nico's dead.
Of course, Zoe's first shot just lands.
Hey, Nico, if you know my spot, do not give it away.
Where are you, Mia?
Give me a chance.
I see you. Mia, where are you? You're being sneaky. Before you kill me, can I test out a hiding spot? Yeah, sure. Okay. I don't know where you are. Okay. I just, I don't know if it's even possible to do that hiding spot, though. Is it this one up here?
I'm busting open the doors.
That white roof.
Yo.
CIA, open up.
Yeah. Should see if you can run and jump over to it. Let me know. Okay, I will.
Oh, gosh.
Wait, I don't know how to run.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Peanut's dead.
I died.
Does that mean you're in here?
And I'm pretty sure Mia's about to die.
Ah, it's not makeable. It looks possible, but I'm blind.
That mean you're in here, Cash?
No, I'm nowhere.
Where are you?
You guys will not find me.
Is your sounds on? No. Oh, thank goodness.
Wait, Mia, is it just you left? Or is it Peanut?
No, I died. I am alive.
Oh, so it's just me and Mia. Oh, wait, what? I thought you were talking to Zoe.
She's alive, yeah. I just can't find her. As long as Shady minds his business,
Kept her alive.
then I'll be fine.
Oh, okay, I'll mind my business.
Shady, go away, bro.
Where are you?
Go away.
No.
Mia, where are you?
Where are you?
Oh, it is possible to get up there. He got up there. Oh.
Zoe.
Yeah?
Rat her out.
I don't know where she is. No, Zoe doesn't. She doesn't know exactly where I am.
Mia, if you die, do not give away my spot, please.
Are you a ping, Mia?
Okay.
I will do the same.
Where's your prop?
We're not giving you any hints.
No L hens.
We have to win at least one round as props, please.
This is really, really bad, though.
It is very bad.
I'm scared. Like, are you McDonald's, Mia?
I'm unconfident that we will win this, but I think we got a chance.
Mia, Zoe, do it for the McDonald's. Are you McDonald's? I am not McDonald's. You're not McDonald's?
Nobody here is McDonald's.
I see Nico. Bro is lost.
Oh, nah. Don't make fun of him. He's gonna chase you down. Oh, he's gonna chase you down.
He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me.
You know what?
Oh, he angry.
WYA.
Where you at?
Mia, that means where you at, by the way. It's something like...
I know that.
Alright, just making sure.
It's something that the youngins, refer to.
Zoe, where is she?
I don't know. She was over in this area. I just keep making sure to talk over the ping.
Oh, yeah, true that, true that.
I'm not even hearing pings.
I could never find where she actually was.
That means you're not close enough.
Mia saying something, she's muted.
He muted me and he's not even near me.
Nico, you muted Mia?
She saying something?
Yeah, she's talking.
Oh, that's funny.
Peanut, be a friend. Be a friend.
Come on, 2 minutes.
I'm looking.
We gotta get this now.
Be a friend. Be a friend. Be a friend. Be a friend. I'm talking. Why? Peanut is on the other side of the map. What do you mean? Oh, okay. That's not Peanut.
Where's the peanut?
What?
Oh, wow.
No!
Bro, why?
Oh, wow.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, no.
No, I thought it was a good spot. Oh, and Mia died. We couldn't clutch it.
I was like, what the heck is going on, bruh?
You were right there.
He was like, oh, no.
I was watching you.
I wasn't hearing any pings.
I'm getting my McDonald's now.
If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Today I'm gonna babysit a small child, which may or may not be an actual demon in disguise. I'm just trying to make some money here, all right?
I'd like to book a sitter for my little prince. It's for 3 nights. You just need to feed him and put him to bed. Easy peasy. His bottle's in the fridge.
Feed him and put him to bed, and his bottle's in the fridge. That's all I need to know. I need to find apartment 10 now. This is apartment 6, so can't go in there. That's 7, 8. Oh, you got a package. Okay, maybe I shouldn't take from other people's houses. Let's just go to apartment 10, which is right here. Oh, there's a potted plant. I don't think I do anything with this. I think I just take the key underneath and unlock the door. All right, where's this little gremlin? There you are. Hey, buddy. Oh, okay. Looks like we're not off to a great start. Night 1. It's time for bed. The child says,
Is that what you think?
why does the baby have a deep voice? I don't know. Because he's a demon. That's why. I gotta feed you before I put you to bed. So, oh, I can just pick you up? Okay. You go back there. I'm gonna get your food, which I'm pretty sure is in the kitchen. Yes, over here. Okay. You want some bread? I mean, I'll feed you some bread, buddy. Do I just stuff it in his mouth? Just, I think I just put the bread on his face. I don't know if okay. Sorry, buddy. I'm trying to feed you. It's kind of hard. I'm just gonna put it there for you. All right. Figure it out yourself. I'm getting your bottle from the fridge. I can get an egg. I can get some cheese. All right. I probably should make him a sandwich. Let's get his bottle, though. Here you go, bud. Take that. Oh, he's happy. Why are you smiling like that? Oh, you just pooped yourself. Should I feed him or change him first? Okay. I'm gonna feed you first. Let me make you a sandwich before I change your diaper. That is disgusting. All right. I just broke a plate. Okay. How do I put this plate down without breaking it? Buddy. Hey, the plates just don't want to. Okay. I'm making the sandwich on the counter. I'll give him a little ham slice. I'm trying to put it on the bread right now. You guys don't know how frustrating this is. Ham, you go there. Why don't you want to go on there? Hey, listen. All right. I'm just gonna go change him. I've had enough of this. Come on, buddy. You stink. Yeah, get away from me. Where's the changing table? Don't tell me it's upstairs. This baby's staring at me all weird and I don't like it. Changing? Nope. That's not where I change you. Do I change you in here? Not here either. It's probably downstairs. Ah, yes, perfect. It's right here. Changing mat. Okay, well, I gotta change the baby now. Do I want to do this? Probably not. Let's get him a new diaper, and he's gone. Okay, well, I turned around for 1 second. Where are you at? Oh, God. Oh, God. No, I gotta take care of you, buddy. Hey, how'd you get there? I didn't know this baby could teleport. Does he have gloves on? He does have gloves on. He's got little mittens. All right, I gotta change you, bud. Just go ahead. There you go. Okay, well, I gotta put the baby to sleep now. I didn't feed him any actual food. I just gave him his bottle, but maybe that's enough. In you go, bud. There we go. Okay, you good in there? You like it? He doesn't seem happy. Now I have to find a storybook and sit down. All right, I'll read this one. Here. The Prince and the Cat. I don't like books. I don't want to read. Across the shore and just a little bit. Yeah, no. I'm not reading through all this. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna speed run through it. I'm just trying to get my tasks done. All right, now he's asleep. Yes. Finally getting this babysitting job done. Let me just close that door. All right, perfect. Now I can just wait for the parents to get home and I can watch TV. This is the easiest job in the world. Time for some nice, relaxing TV shows. Chill out on the sofa. What's on? Oh, I'm falling asleep, aren't I? Well, as long as the baby's asleep, it's fine if I take a little nap, right? Okay. The baby's awake. I forgot that babies do this every now and then. I gotta go upstairs and make sure he's okay. Hey, do you have a nightmare? You okay up here? Hey, buddy. What? He's not in his regular bed. Where are you at, baby? Key to secrets? Why is there... oh, do I open this? Wow, I didn't know there was a 3rd floor. If the baby's up here, I'm gonna be really confused how he did that without unlocking it. Oh, God. It just got super dark. Baby? Baby, this is really freaking me out. Listen, I don't care what your parents do. This painting seems to be incomplete. Do you want me to complete it for you? I can get a paintbrush. I'm trying to find this baby, though. Oh, okay, you're crying in my ear. I'm getting scared. Is there anything I need to do? Maybe I just get the baby. Let's go back down for him. Okay, that weird ambience is gone. I can't open the door. I feel like he's in there. What is the painting missing? Oh, a soul trapped by the baby in yellow has been set free. Okay, so it looks like I have to find these different plushies. Do you also have a soul stuck inside of you? I have no idea why I can pick up all this stuff, but it must be important, right? I don't know what the painting's missing. I'm trying to figure it out. And where's the baby crying at? Oh, I clicked another thing. Okay, well, it looks like he trapped a soul in that thing. Good thing I found it. I need 4 more souls to unlock this toy box. So let me find those, and that might be exactly what I need. Baby, I know you're crying in there. I'm trying to get to your oh, you're down here. What? I didn't realize you were down here the whole time. I thought you were upstairs. Buddy, you gotta go to sleep. You can't keep getting up in the middle of the night. I'm sorry. Even though I know you're a demon secretly. Put the correct plushie in the cot. Do you want the sheep plushie? No, he doesn't want that one. Okay. Do you want the bunny one? No, doesn't want that. What about the cat? Ah, you like the cat, don't you?
I know what you are inside.
All right, good night. Now to find some more of those souls. Okay, why are doors opening randomly? I'm just gonna close that again. I wanted to look for some more souls, but it's telling me to go sit on the couch again. So I guess I'll look for like one more. Aha! I found you. The little black cats are all around here. Oh, I see you too. What was that sound? Do I question that one? Should I just go back on the sofa? I'll just go back on the sofa.
Am I about to die?
Baby's gonna wake me up again, isn't he? Oh, I survived the first night. Now it's night 2. The child said,
Look, isn't it funny?
I told you not to do that. I don't know how I'm talking to the child. He speaks English somehow. All right, baby, where are you at? I gotta find you so I can feed you. Oh, you're watching TV. Oh, he's kind of cute. He's got a band-aid on his knee. Did I do that? I don't know if I did. Well, let me feed you so I can find some more of these lost souls around. Hey, yo, why'd you do that? Where's the bottle? No, I just saw it. Where did the bottle go? Oh, a free soul. Why did it say run? Not gonna run. I got a baby to feed and a bottle to find. Hey, why am I locked? Hey, let me in. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. The baby trapped me in here. Ladle. What do I need? Bottle. I got the bottle. Yes. Okay, so you locked me in there just because I didn't give you your bottle. He pooped again. Okay, I'm going to change you. Oh, I don't like the way he stares. It's like, I feel like he's just gonna jump scare me. It's disgusting. All right. Oh God. Yo, why is your diaper running away? Hey, get back here. Hey, you can't run from me. There's no way this thing's alive right now, right? Are you serious? Where did you go? Where did you go? Hey, he's trying to get upstairs. I see you peeking around the corner, dude. Okay, diapers being alive. This isn't fun. Are you wearing glasses now? Hey.
Oh my goodness, you are the most annoying diaper in the world. You know that, dude?
Oh, where are you going? Oh my God. Are you okay? Well, this is a weird room. Thanks, I guess. You gotta go back on the baby. Can't have him walking around the house all naked and stuff. All right, here you go, baby. I got your diaper. There you go. You ready to go to bed? You're going to bed. Oh, that's not... Could have sworn he was just in my hands there. I'll just pretend like that didn't happen, okay, baby? I know you're a demon inside. Just go to bed. All right, have fun in there. I'm gonna read your storybook even though I don't want to. The Prince and the Rabbit? All right, let's just hurry this up. Just click straight through. Oh my God. Okay. Why? Why are you doing this? Give me the book back. I'm gonna give you your plushie, okay? Just stop crying, please. You want this one? No. You want the bunny? Yes, you want the bunny. The game is really gonna make me keep reading this book. He jump scared me last time. Yep, reading your book for you. Thank you. He's asleep, finally. Well, now that he's asleep, any black cats hiding from me? I need to free all these souls. Okay, I'm not seeing any black cats over here. Let's go check the other rooms. Anything in here? Doesn't look like it. What about this new room that we unlocked? Aha, I see you there. Toy box has been unlocked. So now I can go open that thing up. Not seeing any more. In emergency, break glass. I'm guessing that's his. So I'll put that in his mouth if he ever fully attacks me as a demon. I don't even want to know what's in there. Let's go open that toy box though. I found enough souls, so now I should be able to go in here, right? Don't you wake up. Okay, I can spawn a balloon, basketball. Let's do a foam dart gun. Oh, cool. I got my own gun now. Oh yeah. What if I shoot the baby in the face? Hey baby. Oh, I woke him up. I'm just gonna close this. I just woke the baby up. I'm gonna go back downstairs. He's gonna kill me. I'm about to die to this baby. Ooh, I didn't do nothing. Who's at my door? Whoever's there, I got a gun. I got a gun. All right, who is it? Wait a second. What? A toasty 4000. Okay, cool. Why did that cat plushie just fall? Baby, I swear if you're up there, you better not be messing around with me. You ripped the bunny. Hey, you can't do that. Open up. Whatever. I'm going to watch TV. Guess my door's just gonna get left open. I don't really care. Oh my God. What in the world am I looking at? This looks like a Skibbity Toilet episode. I'm falling asleep again. Night 3. Good night. Sweet dreams. The child.
I will show you my dreams.
No, you won't. I'm gonna take good care of you, baby. Where you at? Oh wait, I don't even have to feed the baby. Oh my, why? It just started thunderstorming out of nowhere. You woke the baby up. Thunder, what are we doing here? I'm trying to babysit, dude. Come on. It's okay, buddy. All right, you go back to sleep. I'm going back downstairs. Find something to eat. Maybe I'll get a cheesy toasty. Oh, this is the toasty maker. Okay, well, you go in there and you got cheese. Can I add anything else, please? I want this. Yes. Now we put another piece of bread and make the toasty. This is gonna be so good. Oh my God. All right, well, feed the baby, you monster. Wait, what? Feed me? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't realize. Jeez, what happened to the kitchen? I'll make you a cheesy toasty. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Where's your... Oh my God. The bottle's all the way in the back of the fridge. Why did I have to go so far? Baby! You can't close the door on me like that. What are you... I'm in the freezer. Hello? Baby? I'm sorry. It's just out of reach? Well, then how do I get it? Do I have to grab something in the back? I don't know. I don't know, baby. I'm trying to get you your bottle. I'm sorry. I'm really scared right now if you can't tell. Aha. Got it. Okay. Well, where's the baby at? I don't think I want to see the baby. He's a demon. You're around here. I know you are. Baby? Where are you at? Aha. Okay, I'm gonna go feed you. I'm gonna go... Okay, apartment 10. This is where I'm supposed to be. Oh my God. Why are you staring at me like that? Don't you look at me with those eyes. Ugh. I gotta change you now with those demon eyes? He's staring straight at me.
Oh my God. Go on the table. I don't want to play anymore.
Yo! Oh my God. What is wrong with you, baby? What did I do? What did I do? Stop staring at me like that. Okay, I'm terrified. I just need to... okay, break the emergency glass upstairs. Oh, jeez. Yo, he's blocking my way off. Do I need to go around? Stop it, baby. You are crazy. Okay. Emergency glass. It's in here. Oh my God. Break it. Where are you at? Where you at, baby? I got your pacifier. I'm gonna use it on you. Baby. Baby, where you at? I know you're downstairs. I know you're downstairs. That's right. I did it. I put the pacifier in his mouth and he's asleep. Okay, well, we got the holy pacifier in his mouth. The demon baby is no more. I hope. Oh my God. You're still alive? Why are you still... No. What is this? He's having a bedtime story with me. I'm literally in a dream with him. You don't have to do any of this. Oh my God. He's still a demon. Hey, I need to settle you, dude. I really need you to go... Okay, my lights are turning off. Are you guys guys seeing this? Get in your cot. I gotta put your plushie in there to make you happy. There's literal tentacles coming out of the ground. Baby plushie? Is that what you want? Nope. You want the cat plushie? I know you. You want the bunny plushie? Okay, no. You want the sheep plushie? Yeah. How about I read you a little bedtime story, huh? Oh my god, he's gonna jump scare me. Okay, Prince and the Sheep. Let's just go through it. Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. What just happened? I don't know what's going on. What is that? That's not part of the book. Oh god. Hi, baby. You don't need to do any of this. I don't know where you got that chair from. Oh my god. Wow. I'm gonna die, aren't I? I don't know if I just died or not. It feels like I did. Good night. Thanks. That's Act 1 complete. Now we're on to Act 2.
Thank you for the last sitter. They went down a treat. I'm off to a concert tonight. Could someone pop over and check in on my little prince?
Yeah, sure thing. I'll take care of your demon baby. I have a feeling I'm not making out of this alive. All right, well, I went through all that with you, and I still came back. You see what that says about me? I'm a good person. Why am I hearing loud sounds? Hello? It's the TV. Switch that channel. No. Where is the baby at? Where are you hiding from me? Are you in the fridge again? Don't you dare. I got your bottle. Wherever you're at. Oh my god, your toys are all over the floor. Are any of these open? Oh my god, the baby's in there. Baby, what are you doing? What did I say about your demon practices? Hey, I didn't know your plushies were alive. You're gonna kill me. Okay, Bunny, don't you look at me like that. I have to follow you now? I'm supposed to go pick up the baby. Why are we going outside of the apartment, dude? Okay, I'm definitely gonna turn a corner and get jump scared. Well, where are we going? Down? Oh, you're looking at me weird. Okay, quickly towards the exit, the tiny rabbit hopped. Please tell me we're escaping and we don't have to take care of this baby. Rabbit, do you know where we're going? I think the elevator's breaking on us. Hello? Oh. Okay, well, the door didn't open fully, but at least we're alive. Where are we going now? You're just running to the right? All right, I see you there. Free that soul. I need to follow that white rabbit. We're on like floor 5 or something. I have no idea. White rabbit, you went that way. Oh, hi. Where do you want to go? Why? I thought you were leading me somewhere. And how is the baby down here? He has a key for me and I need that. Hey, listen, I really need that key right now. Okay, we can't play games right now. I need the door to open for me. How else am I gonna get to the elevator? Is there a black cat around here? Ah, cactus. Whatever, baby. You can go mess with that key. Oh, you're right there. I'm looking for a black cat. I see you up there. Anything in the fridge? Watermelon. Whoever this is winning a lot of awards. Okay. Baby, I really can't have you doing this. Okay. If you're just gonna keep disappearing, I'm just gonna keep exploring this apartment. Why is there an eyeball? Let's see. Oh, wow. Clean water. At least it's not bloody. Bathroom is growing out a bunch of stuff. I'm pretty sure this apartment is like older than me. Nobody has been in this place in so long. Musical gibberish. Wait a second. Is that for the guitar? I see a black cat. Yes. It just told me to hide. Oh my god, you were right there. It scared me. Okay, I got a disc. Maybe I have to put it in one of these or in this. This is what I meant. Play that. I don't know if I like that music. Can we stop it? Thank you. Piano music. So it looks like whoever's in here was a musician that really liked the piano and the guitar. All right, baby, I've had enough of you. I'm gonna place the sheet music there. I'm pretty sure this one's also piano music, right? Yeah, not piano music? What? Okay, where in the world's the other piano music? I'm not even paying attention to the baby anymore. Is this it? This has gotta be it. That looks the exact same. Boom. Oh yeah. Now the last piece of piano music. This baby's gonna jump scare me in the middle. Just looking for a little paper like this. Exactly what I needed. Boom. Now I can play it. All right. I needed some relaxation. This is so nice. I know the baby just appeared right above me, but I'm trying to relax. I've had enough. Okay, baby, you messed up my song. I'm not even gonna get scared by you anymore. You're just a baby. That's all you are. Wait, explore the secret passage. Did I miss something? Is there a secret passage around here? Is it in here? Hey, baby, where is the secret passage? Hello? I'm gonna be sad if I just walk past it over here. Wait, press secret switch. Oh, it's right here. Okay, well, what's down here then? Yo, am I behind the walls of this apartment? Oh no, I don't like it. Okay, I got a hammer. If that baby tries to jump at me, I'm sorry. I'm using the hammer. Is that messed up? That's probably messed up. I'm just gonna use it for this then. All right, now what in the world are we doing over here? Why do we have so many demon-like things? Is that supposed to be like a record? Are you playing the music right now? Why do I have to listen to this? Give me that. Oh, I messed up. I messed up, didn't I? I probably should not have taken that. I'm just gonna go. Oh my god. Really? The worst times. I'm trying to say something. I'm just gonna play it on here. All right. What am I listening to? Oh, you like it? Now give me that key. That's right. Finally. Get me out of here. Baby always trying to take stuff from me. Open up. Okay. Finally, we can get back to the elevator. I don't know where the white rabbit went, but I think he was trying to save me. Okay, the power's out. Well, perfect. Yeah, I totally didn't want to use the elevator anyways. Ooh, what's this? Are these hints? It's telling me where to go. Why am I hearing stuff in here? I swear I'm hearing someone ripping a plushie apart. Baby, you better not be ripping apart the white rabbit. No! It was gonna help me, dude. What's wrong with you? Okay, okay, jeez. I won't take it from you. I'm sorry. sorry. I'm sorry I even tried. Oh, man. Well, I guess I'm not saving the rabbit. I'm just gonna go try and fix the power. I need this elevator to work so I can go downwards. Oh, wow. Okay, door just likes closing on me. The lock says 43 on here. I feel like I'm gonna need to remember that. Can you remember 43, please? My brain's not very good. Let's unlock this thing. Wait, that has 4 numbers on it. Okay, well, it wasn't right. Ah, this one says 17. We have 43 and 17. Does that go in here by any chance? 43, 17. Aha! Man, I'm a genius. Oh, I don't know if you guys just saw that. I dropped my wrench in there. I did not mean to do that. Do I just throw random stuff in there now? All right, mugs. Take a coin. I know the game's telling me to investigate fuse boxes, but I kind of want a little snacky. If it's cool with y'all, I'm just gonna... Oh, C2 looks pretty appetizing. What is that, a battery? C2. Give me that. Okay, this is definitely for the fuse boxes, which is right here. This looks so complicated. I gotta replace the fuses. Pink goes to pink. Uh-huh. And then I'm guessing blue goes to blue. All right, blue fuse. Where are you at? Probably in the vending machine. No blue. Those are all pink, so we gotta find the blue fuse somewhere else. There's a bunch of chess pieces like everywhere too. So if I find a chessboard, I know exactly where to go. Aha! Free soul. There's the blue fuses. Wait, that was actually so easy. Boom. Oh yeah. Nay, baby, don't you... Hey! Stop stealing the fuses. You just burned it out. Hey, that's enough. Get out of here. I'm sorry. I know I made you cry, but I can't have you... Wait. Can I put the baby in here? Yeah, that's right. Get in there. All right. Now he's gone. I don't like his laughing. Okay, let's just get another coin. C2. Give me my fuse before this baby comes to kill me. Come on. C2. All right. Just put the fuse in before the baby kills me. Thank you. Boom. All right, now we pull this, and it's back on. We can go use our elevator. That's all I wanted to do in the beginning. Oh. I don't like this. Are you gonna kill me? Don't leave. Why can't I not leave? What did I do to you, baby? Coward. No escape. Okay, he's telling me not to leave, but he's literally trying to possess me. Look at him on the wall right there. I'm not scared of you. You'll regret that. Wait, what? Hey, Mr. Bunny, are you okay? Can we use the elevator now? Oh, no. Oh, my God. The baby's gonna come kill me. Hey, you are terrifying. I don't like this. Wait for the elevator. Oh, my God. What do you mean wait for the elevator? Oh! I couldn't wait for the elevator. I think I had to go in that doorway to the right. Let me try again. Okay, yep. We go in here. Let's just escape. I have a feeling he's just gonna chase me down. Hey, Bunny! I need the key! Oh, my God. Don't you run away from me. Bunny, I'm just gonna follow you wherever you go, okay? Oh, no. Oh, my God. He's screaming. Wait, I need green and blue? Green and blue? Okay, this one for green. Blue star. This one. Ah! Get away! He's right there! Oh, my God. Okay, I just gotta survive. Can this elevator work? Oh, my God. That elevator's not gonna work. I gotta go for something else. I cannot be waiting for these elevators. Bunny, I'm just following you right now. I can't run into anything. Finally, yes! Oh, my God. I made it into the elevator again. That baby is trying to follow us in. Now we're on the exit. Don't leave me alone. Stay here. Stay forever. I think I'm good. I don't want to stay forever. I honestly want nothing to do with you anymore. All right, White Bunny, what are we doing? You waiting too? I'm waiting too. Why am I back here? I don't want to take care of you anymore. Stop playing that. I don't trust you. I'll get your bottle, but I know you're just gonna try and kill me. Now you're gonna kill me? Oh, he's not. Wait a second. Am I in a different place? Why is it flipped? This does not look right. The fridge is still here. Am I gonna die? I'm not gonna die. All right. I'm glad you're normal, buddy. Okay. Yo, what? Did you just poop while you were in my hand? Are you gonna kill me? Oh my God. I don't like the way he stares at me. I don't even want to make eye contact with him. I gotta change your nappy. Oh my God. I knew it. He's gone. How am I supposed to change you like this, baby? Oh my God. Stop disappearing. Wait, what? I have to do it all over again? I just did all this. I have to feed him. He rewinded time. All right, baby. You want to do that? Fine. I'll play your little game. I am so gonna get jump scared right here. I am like terrified. Oh, he's pooping. Yep, he's pooping. I don't trust you. All right, watch this flick shot. Wait a second. Change your nappy. Oh, he's shaking now. I have to get a new nappy again. Are you serious? Wait, but I already got the nappy. How did he poop himself twice? All right, fine. I'll get another diaper for you. I am so gonna die. Since when was there an elevator up here? I'm pretty sure that wasn't supposed to happen, but I'll go in. I'm just looking for a diaper, okay? Why do none of the elevators in here work? Oh my God. Hey, buddy, you gotta go to bed. You can't do any more of this. Stop playing that record. Stop. You gotta go to bed. I know you're evil and stuff. I know you're gonna try and kill me right here, but you need to go in there. Don't cry, please. I'm just gonna close this door on you. All right. I don't like this demon baby. He's kind of terrifying. He's also possessing my TV. Stop. I can't switch the channel. Fine. Whatever. I'll watch it. Wait, what's going on? No, baby. Stop rewinding this on me. I can't do it anymore. I'm quitting tomorrow, just so you know. No longer taking care of you, buddy. Get in there. Okay. Is he about to be around here? He's not. All right, cool. Well, finally. Aww. How many times do I have to do this with you, baby? No music. I know you want to listen to your demon songs, but I've had enough. You're going straight to bed. This is my 3rd time tonight doing this. Get in there. Get in. What, you need a plushie or something? Take this. All right. I'm hoping that's the last time, because I'm not doing that again. This is way too much for one person. Oh my God. You're messing with me. Why is there music? I'm gonna do this one more time for you, okay? I know I hear whispering around. I'm not worried about the whispering. I'm worried about you. Am I just doing this improperly? Do I need to read you a bedtime story or something? I don't like the way you're looking. Hey, why you sitting up, dude? What do you want from me? Yeesh. Do I trust him? He actually went to sleep. Okay, I hear a bunch of different stuff. Should I just go into this door? Wasn't the key in here or something? Oh, yeah, it was. Is that what I was missing the whole time? Am I just dumb? Should I just unlock it? Ah. Oh, baby. I didn't realize you were still gonna wake up. Yo, this is crazy. I need a purple heart key now. All right, well, you're going back to bed, and I'm gonna figure out where that purple heart is. Get back in there, please. Thank you. All right. Heart key. Heart key. Is it downstairs, possibly? Let's check. Aha. Wait, it's broken. Why are you broken? How do I fix this key? That makes no sense. Do I need to get the baby to fix it or something? Let's just descend. Maybe I can find a way to fix that key. Down here. Oh, no. No, no, no. This is where the key is. I get it now. All right, I'm just gonna ignore you, baby. I'm gonna take this key with me. Let's go back in that elevator and go feed the demon baby. All right, so it's like 2 different worlds right now. There's a normal world and there's a... Okay, my key's gone. Well, he's back. I don't know how to fix the key. Can you fix it, dude? Please? Okay, I think I figured it out. If we just go back to the normal baby in this area by taking the elevator, we can go unlock the pink door there. And then when we come back, it should still be open on this side. So I'm not even gonna worry about the baby anymore. I'm just gonna take that key and I think this door should be unlocked. Yes, it is. Now I can unlock this door and I can go straight through. Oh my God. It says don't leave in the top left. Don't leave. This is a really long hallway and I feel like, oh my God. I don't like this at all. You're terrifying me. Am I about to die? Hello, baby. Oh my God. No, 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 no. Oh, take the baby to bed. He's a tired boy. Oh, aren't you a little tired boy? Oh, wait. You need to go to apartment 10. Where's apartment 10? Nah, here you are. What you mean locked? Hey, hey, baby. Stop it. Stop messing around. Oh, I don't like you. Yeah. I'm gonna fling you around the corner. Oh, I made him cry now. Oops. Sorry, buddy. I don't know where your bed is. I feel like I'm in the back rooms. You wanna go in here? Nah, you wanna go in here? Yes, you do. There you go. Oops. Missed ya. There you go. All right. I found 10 secrets. Now I just need 2 more. So, please don't do anything. I'm gonna leave the room now if that's cool with you. Let me out. Thank you. Oh my God. I hate this. It's trapping me in a loop multiple times again. I already took you to bed. Ah. Okay, fine. I'll take you to bed again. I don't like the way you look at me. You're gonna put me in a loop, aren't you? Aren't you, dude? What if I feed you to the demon gods? Huh? Or I just take you with me? I don't know. I put him to bed. Do you want anything else? Maybe I go back around this way instead. I close the door on him. I don't know what to do with you. All right, so it just traps you in a loop if you do that. We gotta do something else with this baby. Oh, wait, there's an X. Maybe I just don't pick up the baby. You know what? Yeah. Oh my God. No, I'm not putting you to bed. I'm done with you, baby. You're not going to bed anymore. I'm going on my own path. Thank you very much. Oh, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna be so unhappy with me. Jeez. Baby, I'm not putting you to bed. Leave me alone. You're not going to bed. Now what if I leave? Wait, is this a bad idea? Might be a bad idea. Oh, I failed the task. Why are you on a TV now? Watch TV? Hey, baby, I didn't take you to bed because you kept looping me, okay? I'm not watching your TV anymore. Oh, I'm not watching you. I'm not looking at the TV. Stop it, baby. I don't want to look at you. Oh my God. He's trying to put me to sleep right now and I'm resisting. I'm resisting. Oh my God, I can't get out. Oh no. Oh no. Stop. Stop. I don't like your TVs. Am I about to die? Oh my gosh. Oh, you are a TV baby, aren't you? Well, too bad. I'm not listening to you anymore. It wants me to take the baby to bed again, but he's sitting on a throne right now. I'm not doing that. I'm sorry. Oh, he's angry. Yes. Yes. Let's go, White Bunny. We can make it. Why am I turning? No, I don't feel good. Is this supposed to be happening, White Bunny? Is this just normal? You realize we're literally sideways, right? Oh my God. Oh my God. No, 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 no. Bunny, little help here. Where's the baby at? Do I go around you? Oh my gosh. Okay. The baby just threw me into the hole. Ah. Well, looks like we're back here. Okay. I don't know what it just said. The rabbit went towards the exit. What's going on in this game? Am I trapped? These doors are missing numbers. I don't think these are the right numbers. Okay. Wow. Thanks. Do I just turn back around? Please, game. Thank you. Oh, that's not right. The white rabbit's getting terrified. This poor rabbit. So that's what the child's book was about. The white rabbit is just a poor little soul that's getting possessed by the baby. I don't want any of your friends, baby. I know that's you talking to me. I'm not a part of this. I'm just trying to make it out of your little maze that you trapped me in. Oh my gosh. Hey, get off of there. You could get hurt. You could get hurt, buddy. Should I even look at him? Oh my God. Get me to the exit, please. Ah! I'm just trying to get to the exit. I thought he actually would have let me go. And there's a giant eyeball staring at me. I'm putting you to bed. Enough's enough, dude. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Wait, what? What's going on? No, 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 no. I didn't want to deal with all this. You think you're so funny, little baby. I'm not taking you to bed anymore. Sorry, dude. I'm leaving this place. And I found a free soul. White rabbit, I know you're looking into the void. I'm looking at it too. I think we should just go. Let's jump. Never mind. I can't jump. White rabbit, what do I do? What do I do? Should I throw the baby into the void? That's a good idea. I will do it. Hey, buddy. You ready to go into the void? Let's see if it works. In you go. Yeet. Uh-oh. Oh, gosh. Please don't leave. What do you mean, please don't leave? I'm gonna leave no matter what. You can't stop me. I found my way out of here. All I had to do was throw the baby into the void. Yes, bunny, let's go. We did it. I think. But we're back here. Wait, this doesn't look right. who are you? Pick up broken doctor? Is this what was missing? A strange symbol. Oh, okay. So we gotta find that circle symbol, which is this door. Interesting. What happens if I open these ones? I don't know. I shouldn't try. Am I finally getting out of here? Where's the elevator? Is this? Oh my gosh. That's not the real. Let me hug you. You are not hugging me. What do you mean you can't hide? Oh gosh. This guy's just chasing me down. He wants to kiss me or something. No escape. Oh my god. He's right behind me. Yo, where did you come from? Stop it. He's appearing down hallways like it's nobody's business. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't like this, baby. He said, let me squeeze you. I don't want you to do that. Wait, what? Which door is it? Is it this one? Is it that one? Okay. I know the symbols now. I saw it on the wall. I gotta find the right door. It was, oh my god. Ugh. Which symbol was it? Oh no. Oh no. It was, one of these. Oh, it's that one. It's that one. Get me out. I remembered it. I saw it on the wall before I got here. Yes. Okay. Let me out. There's no way I escape by event, right? I feel like this is a trick again. Oh god. We're back. And the baby's back. He's way bigger than me, though. For some reason, why are you so much bigger? Am I the baby? Bunny, help me! Bunny, help! I don't want to deal with this baby! I'm so scared right now! Everything's falling. I'm gonna follow you. I'll trust you. Oh, God. 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 The baby's right behind me. I know he is. Oh, jeez. I am trying to dodge a million things right now. There's baby bottles falling over me. Bunny, please tell me this is the actual exit. I swear. If he tricks me again, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Run, little rabbit. You're not the only one. There will always be more. Does that mean I won? Do I win? We did it. That was the rabbit ending. But here's the thing. There's actually a lot more endings you can get. And the game gets even scarier than this. If this video hits 5,000 likes, I'm gonna do a part 2 and get a completely different ending. If you want to watch another video, click one on your screen here. And also don't forget to subscribe. I'm really trying to hit 1 million. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Guys, today we're playing a game where the only goal is to eat a slice of cake. Now, the only thing stopping that is me. I'm the bear. Wait, I can move my head.
Hello. Y'all gonna help me get some cake today? Let's do it.
Okay, now at first, this game looks very simple. The music is so loud. But as you can see at the bottom, it says it's a perfect time for a slice of cake. Very simple goal, but we gotta remember one thing here, guys. This game was created to make you rage. It's one of those kinds of scenarios, so I'm not gonna rage whatsoever. So I have to get to that piece of cake over there, but unfortunately, I'm a fat bear, and I'm too lazy to get up off the chair to just go reach it. Apparently, my legs don't work, so I'm gonna have to find another way to get to it, like maybe one of these jars. Okay, so if I throw this over... All right, so if I throw this over like that did not work. Let's try this again, buddy. Maybe... Okay. If I can somehow hit the cake, maybe it'll launch over to me. Wait, what? Am I stupid? I have no idea how the cake's gonna come towards me if I throw a jar at it. Can I pick up the pieces? No, I can't. So obviously, I don't think the jars are gonna be helpful in any scenario here.
Man, I'm so fat and lazy, I can't get up off this chair. Oh, but that cake looks delicious. Maybe I should get up. No, too fat.
Okay, can I grab the jars up there? No, I don't think... Yeah, the jars are definitely not worth it. What's this thing? Yeah. Aha! Look at that. I found a fork. Oh, yeah. Don't drop it. Oh, my... get the fork. Okay. Almost lost the fork there. So maybe I can just reach the cake like this. Yeah. All right. Okay, the fork's apparently just not long enough to reach the cake. I want to make sure that cake doesn't fall on the ground, because if it does, then I'm pretty sure I lose. Okay, why is the table moving away from me? Table, come this way. Come on, table. Man, what? It's too far away now. Okay, I'm not gonna rage. That's just me getting excited over eating this nice chocolatey piece of cake. Okay, I literally can't reach the table anymore.
If anyone in the comments wants to call me fat, you got another thing coming, buddy. Not afraid to use this fork? Oh.
Okay, now I can't even reach the fork. We gotta restart. All right, buddy. Now this time we want to pull the table towards us. Not, why does it push the table away whenever...
Man, come on now, you dumb table.
Oh, wait. Maybe I can pull it from underneath? Oh, come here, buddy. Come here, little table. Oh, I hate this. Very nice and slow, buddy. Yes. Okay, we have the table up. Our extra long fork's got to help us. Just scrape it towards. Yes. There we go. See, we're inching the table. Don't move back now. We definitely don't want that. All right, come on, table. What are you getting stopped by? Oh, the table doesn't want to come forward. That jar is in the way. Yo, move it, jar. You're messing with my vibe right now. How do I break? Okay, hold on. Wait. I need to break that jar that's just sitting by the table leg. Move it. Okay, come on, jars. Don't mess with me now. Oops. Okay, I broke that jar, but not the table. And now I lost my fork.
God, I'm so fat and dumb.
Okay, before we start moving the table, we gotta break that little guy. There we go. Yes. And now that that guy's gone, out of the way, we scrapey very carefully. Oh, yes. Come on over here, cake. Oh, you're getting stuck on some jar pieces. Let me make sure these jars... Yo, get out of here, jars. Always messing with my flow. Okay.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, and now am I not reaching the fork anymore? Really?
Okay, boom.
Jar gone. Now, I'm not gonna let go of this fork no matter what. I don't care. I just want the table to come closer so I can stick this fork in it. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, no, 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 wrong way.
The cake's on the floor.
Can I not eat it anymore?
I swear I'm gonna kill somebody. Hey, can you lock in? I'm really hungry right now.
Yeah, I'm trying my best, Bear. How about you get up and get the cake yourself?
What'd you say to me?
All right, sorry, Bear. I'll get the cake for you.
Yeah, that's right, buddy. You don't want to mess with me. Now look at this. You see this jar? Boom. Oh, hold on. See this jar? Boom. That's gonna happen to your face.
Dude, that jar is just gonna block me now. I want all these jars to break. You know what? There we go. Yeah, you too. Okay. Okay, now we don't want the table to slip backwards. We're just gonna very nicely caress its chin. Yes. Imagine I'm just doing this to you. That was weird. I'm not gonna be caressing anyone's chin. I'm just gonna scrape the bottom of this table. Oh, yeah. Okay, now we get a better hook. Ah, you definitely don't want that cake to fall off.
Hey, pal, can you stop distracting me?
What you gonna do about it, Bear? I'm controlling you, actually.
Stop. Okay, I just want the cake. Can you help me get the cake?
Yeah, I will. Wait, can I reach it right here? Oh, we're right there. Oh, it's moving backwards. Come over here, little table. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. There we go. Perfect. Now, Bear, don't you mess this up. Just get the cake. Yeah. Oh!
Are you kidding me? If I don't have that cake pretty soon, I'm gonna eat you, buddy.
All right, Bear, I'm getting the cake. Can you chill out? It's about to slide off the edge. Come on. We could do this. Bear, lock in, buddy. Oh, that's the wrong side of the table. Just pull the leg. Oh, no. Oh, maybe I should be pushing the legs more. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Chair. Oh, my God. Table. Cake. I don't even know what I'm saying. Oh, okay. Oh, no. No.
We contain it. It's a rage game for a reason, okay? Are you saying I'm part of a game? This ain't no game, bro. I want my cake. Hold on, I got a little itch down here.
Okay. Guys, I swear that was not me. This bear is just a little weird sometimes. Okay, here we go. Here's the strat I'm gonna do this time. We're gonna take the fork and we're gonna put it under the leg. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. There we go. Come on, buddy. Right through the legs. Pause! Okay, very nice and careful. If that cake slides, it genuinely cooks me. Can I just move the leg, like, outwards? Oh, wrong way. This way. Oh, the cake fell. Oh my god, stop freaking out, Bear. He gets really mad whenever the cake falls, guys. All right. Oh, yeah, right there. Okay. Oh, buddy, we're getting real close now, aren't we?
Shut up, bro. I'm locked in. I'm so focused on getting this cake right now. You're just over there making fun of me.
Yo, you realize I'm controlling you, bro. Oh, look at that. Yes.
You know what? I underestimated you. You actually helped me. Now I'm gonna eat this cake and I'm gonna enjoy it. And you don't get any of the cake because I don't like you.
All right, whatever. I don't even want cake, buddy. Let's just get it. Take a slice. Oh my god. Why are you pushing the table? What are you doing? You're missing it.
You realize you're controlling me, right?
Yeah, I know. Okay, we gotta bring the table back. Oh my god. Come on now, little table. Come on now. Oh yeah. Okay, we gotta bring the fork above like this. Yes. And now we go down. Oh no. Come on, just reach the cake. Reach the cake, man. Reach the cake. Okay, we gotta scoot the table a little bit towards us. Come on. This way. Yes. Oh, you're tweaking out, Mr. Bear. Okay, it's going the wrong way now. I hate this table. It's getting in my way so much. Oh, I can get the corner though. Oh no. Oh, yeah. That's not gonna work. Okay, we're gonna go with a very slow motion this time. We're just gonna do little circles, right? Little circles under the table. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna try and get the table as close as possible to me this time. Look at that. Yes. Okay, you ready, Mr. Bear? Stop pushing the table that way.
I'm ready. Let's just be very careful about this, okay? That cake is my life and my wife.
What are you talking about? What do you mean your cake and your life and your wife?
Don't ask questions. I'll stab you.
All right. Jeez. Okay, just reach over to the cake. Oh my god, you're pushing it.
I'm not doing that.
Okay, oh my god. Hold on. We can fix this. It's okay. Just come on. Yeah. Come on back, buddy. Come on back here, Mr. Table. Yeah.
Don't tip over, though. Oh, God. I really don't like the predicament that I'm in right now. Yeah, you don't like the predicament either. And you're not even the one eating the cake. You know I poop in this chair, right? I don't even got a toilet in this house.
Wait, hold on, what?
Yeah, I have a hole in the bottom of this chair.
All right, I don't need to hear anymore, buddy. I'm sure you're gonna have a nice poop after you eat this cake. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Give me that thing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's not over yet. We just gotta pull the table a little closer. Yeah. That's look at that. The table is literally right in front of me. Okay, very beautiful, very gorgeous. This jar is in the way. I'm just gonna we're gonna slowly take this jar. Yep. And,
Get out of here. Yeah.
same with you, jar. I hate these jars. There we go. Okay, now take the fork back. Oh, okay, we're on the wrong side of the table, Buster.
Don't call me Buster.
Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna kill someone. Huh? Where do you live, Cash? Huh? Where do you live? I'm gonna come for you.
You know what I like about this game? The fact that the music in the background right now is so soothing. It's like they're trying to get you to rage even more. I hate this music. I'm not in the mood for it. And that cake is about to slip off. Can I please just reach the cake? Come on, straight down. Yes. Come on. Yes. Bear, what you doing?
Dude, my hand's stuck on the corner of this table.
Then move your hand, bro. Come on. We're right there. Come on. What are you doing, Bear? Oh! Yes! Finally, for a moment, I thought that I would have to stand up. Yeah, exactly. I don't know why you didn't just stand up in the first place. I said I wasn't gonna rage during that game, but I ended up crying and farting everywhere. Look at how joyful this bear is now, too. He's just waving it in the air. I don't even think he wanted to eat it. Well, guys, mission accomplished, I guess. Today, me and my friends risked our lives just to make content on YouTube. The point of this game is to try and record as many monsters as you can, and hopefully get enough views to make it to the next day. You can also use your money to buy items like a flashlight and a sound player. All right, guys, it's time to record some monsters and get some views.
Let's do it.
Yay! Okay.
We're literally risking our lives just to get some views and make some money.
I like making money.
If you look in the top left of the screen, our goal is 39,000 views, and we got 3 days to get that.
Oh, yeah, that's easy.
Okay, boss.
I'll grab the camera. I got this. I'll record for us.
Okay. Can I be in the intro?
If we want to buy anything else, we have $313 to our name, so we could use those.
Bet.
All right, Mia, you want to do the intro for us?
Yes.
All right, here, stand here.
Okay.
And ready, set, go.
Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Yay.
Do a flip.
Oh, a flip?
All right, ready? Yeah.
How do I do a flip? Oh, y'all, look at me. How do I do a flip?
Okay, here we go. Ready, set,
I don't know how to do a flip.
wait. I'm not recording yet.
What?
Ready, set, go.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we can't waste too much of this film. We actually got to record some of the monsters or nobody's going to watch our vids.
Okay. Yeah, true.
We don't have anything except a camera. We should probably get some flashlights and some microphones.
Oh, do we order those?
Okay.
Yeah,
I got myself a handy-dandy flashlight.
we got our flashlights. Look at that. Don't waste the battery.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're right.
All right, let's close the door and go see some monsters.
I'm not ready for this.
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Okay, yeah, this is creepy. Everything just turned all gray and stuff.
Oh, gosh.
Yo, this game was bright and now it's dark. Oh, no.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness, this is creepy. I can barely even see anything.
I don't like this.
All right, you guys hold your flashlights out so I can see.
I don't like it.
I'll record if something comes nearby.
Okay.
There's gotta be something behind me.
I heard a noise to our left. To our left! Person!
We have spotted a monster already. Ew!
Oh!
What is that?
I got a good video of it.
Be careful, be careful.
Yo. It's following me.
Shift. I think, yeah. Run.
Help!
Gosh! Gosh, I'm getting eaten alive! Help me!
Just run, Zoe. Oh, gosh. It can't come up the stairs, right? Here, I'll record it. Hold on.
I don't know. Last time they killed me.
Just look at its disgusting face. Good thing it can't climb the stairs, though.
Ugh. Nasty. I'm gonna go for it. Go!
What are you doing, Mia? No, hey!
Whoa!
Run!
Oh, it's Obby.
Oh, I didn't take any damage.
Okay.
Oh, no. Ow! It got me!
Get that on video.
It got me, bro!
Let's see if there's other monsters around here to record.
Why are you making fun of me?
Do a backflip.
Please tell me there's more. I need y'all to hold out your flashlights. I cannot see. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, no, I'm using it. I don't know how much battery I have left on it, though.
Something's in here.
Hey, yo, he around the corner. Watch out!
Right there.
Yo, he's right there.
In here.
Mia, you don't have a flashlight?
No, I gave them to you guys.
Yo, y'all are leaving me and stuff.
You're right behind us.
I know, I lost you guys for a second.
La 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 la. Ooh. A room with a light. Interesting. Anyway.
Guys, do we remember how to get back?
I think so. Here, Mia, take my flashlight.
Okay.
There's got to be more monsters around here for us to record, right? I don't want to get out of here just because we run out of oxygen. That's boring.
Where are they?
It's gotta be something over here.
Definitely.
Whoa, what's that?
Hello?
That blue cave looks kind of creepy.
Hello?
Parkour.
Parkour.
Ha.
Careful.
Stunts.
What's in here?
Okay, Martin.
Hello?
Excuse me.
I ran out of battery on my flashlight.
Oh, nah. Okay, we should only keep one flashlight on at a time then.
Hello? Oh, I found a flashlight.
Oh.
Oh, good.
Zoe found a really good one.
Ooh.
That one's goated, Zoe.
Here, do you want it? Drop it.
Oh, should I pick it up?
Yeah, just for you.
Okay, I got it.
I shouldn't have gave him that. Mine's dead.
Why are there no zombies around here? Or any monsters?
It's rather peaceful. I like it.
I don't know, but I'm trying to get some loot.
I'm trying to get some content.
Yeah, there's nothing in here.
We need it.
Whoa, what's up here?
Let's go this way. Wow.
Is this our ship?
I think we're back on our ship.
Apparently, these are the only scary beings down here. We have not seen anything else just yet. Oh, who are you? Ew. Whoa! Ah, get off me! Get off me!
I got cash! I got cash! I got cash! I got me! I got me! I got me!
Whoa! Run! Yo, I almost died to that thing.
Yo, that could have been bad.
All right, say something to the camera.
Hey, camera. There's a monster behind me.
Oh, yo, run, run. There's another one. Oh!
Ah, they're walking weird.
We gotta leave.
Yeah, no, this place does not have any good-looking monsters.
For real, we lost Mia and Zoe.
Probably back at the ship.
Unfortunately, we have split up from our group. Mia and Zoe are now dead, I think. I don't think they're actually dead.
No, I don't think so either. That's just for dramatic effect.
Yeah, it's so people will keep watching.
Anything down here?
Hmm.
I don't see anything.
I have 50% film left, so I've used up about half.
Yeah, I have 50%.
What the Martin is that?
Ah! Oh my god, I see it! Ow!
Oh, that's a machine. Yo, Nico.
It's shooting, it's shooting, it's shooting, it's shooting.
Whoa! Run, run.
We got no weapons, we got no weapons, we got no weapons.
Apparently, we have encountered a machine gun monster, and I'm trying my best to run. Oh, no. Yo, chill. Well, I died.
Is Cash dead?
I hope not.
I found a skull. Look at it. Dead person.
Let's see if Nico can pick up the camera. Oh, he got it. He's got to bring it back to the ship.
Yo, chat, my friend just died. And I'm alone in here! Oh gosh! I gotta find a way out. I gotta find a way out. Guys, this is not good. I don't know how to record with this thing. Oh no, what's going on? How do I get back? Oh, this is the way back. This is the way back, yes.
Let's hope Nico makes it back to the ship.
Nico, be careful!
Run! Oh, be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
I think he needs some music.
Ah!
Go.
He made it back.
Guys, I recorded Cash's dead body.
Cash died?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I guess we're leaving.
All right.
Alright, I gotta record a part for the video.
Okay.
Hey, yo, we are back with the gang.
Yeah.
Cash was not able to make it, so we are going back up.
Go home.
Cash, unfortunately, is not... Oh, and I ran out of film.
Oh, I respawned. My hospital bill was $25.
Hospital bill for Cash, 25. I think we leave that there.
Hello.
Ow.
Yo, Cash, here, you want the camera?
Yeah, I splatted. He machine gunned me to death.
We gotta see the video. It's gonna be so funny.
Okay.
We got more film.
I think I wasted some of the film.
Let's throw the camera into the extraction machine. Yeah. There we go. Extracting video. Now we get to see the final product of that. Let's go watch it on the TV.
Let's go.
Uploading it to SpookTube. Let's see. Go.
Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Yay.
Do a flip. Go. Oh, yeah. We have spotted a monster already. Just look at its disgusting face. Good thing it can't climb the stairs, though.
Go.
What are you doing, Mia? No, hey! Run!
Here.
Hey, yo, he around the corner. Watch out! Apparently, these are the only scary beings down here. We have not seen anything else just yet. Oh, who are you? Whoa! Run!
Hey, camera. There's a monster behind me.
Oh, yo,
And I
run.
don't
There's
like
another
it.
one. Unfortunately, we have split up from our group. Mia and Zoe are now dead, I think.
Yeah, 50%.
What the Martin is that?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a machine. Yo, Nico. Whoa! Apparently, we have encountered a machine gun monster, and I'm trying my best to run. Oh, no. Ah!
Yo, chat, my friend just died. And I'm alone in here! Oh gosh! I gotta find a way out. I gotta find a way out, guys. Guys, this is not good. I don't know how to record with this thing. Oh no, what's going on? What's going on? Where are they? How do I get back? How do I get back? Oh, this is the way back. This is the way back. Yes.
I wanna watch more.
Hey, yo, we are back with the gang. Cash was not able to make it, so we are going back.
We got 13,000 views on that.
That's pretty good, right?
That's not bad.
I thought that was a good video.
Okay, let's go. Pretty solid.
We have 2 more days to get 26,000 views.
Okay, that's doable.
We got this in the bag. Let me go to sleep. Good night, guys. Let's hope for a better day tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.
All right, guys. Today's the day.
It's a beautiful day today.
Oh, he still did his intro.
It's a beautiful day.
Okay, wait, how do I charge? Oh, wait, no. Oh, all the flashlights are already charged. Dope.
This time, let's just start the video inside.
Okay.
For that retention.
True. All right, now we're down.
Okay.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
What is going on? Y'all are pushing into me. Someone open a door. Oh, thank you.
Door open.
We got not nickel blocks in the house.
Oh, yeah. Okay, it's time to search for these things.
Yo, what's making that sound?
I don't know.
Nothing.
It's Mia.
Mia.
Yo, why do we got a laugh track playing?
Ooh, a rib cage. Interesting.
Ow, you're pushing me.
Oh, a brain.
We have begun the search for monsters, and we've already found an interesting piece of evidence. That means something's nearby.
Would anyone like a brain on a stick?
No. Let me see that, Zoe.
It looks delectable. Yummy. Yeah.
Okay, Zoe is literally holding a brain on a stick. What in the world is that?
Delicious.
That is crazy.
Thanks, Nico.
Well, what else am I supposed to say?
Oh, this video is gonna be awesome when we're done.
Whoa, what was that noise?
Okay, I'm just gonna go look by myself. I want to see if I can find a monster around here. If I do, then I'll just start recording it. Although I probably should not split up from my group for too long. Usually if I go down in these caves, there's nothing. We already tried that last round. There's Mia.
Hey.
Are you seeing anything yet?
No, I haven't seen a single monster.
Where they at?
I'm looking.
Monsters? I heard a creaking sound this way.
Wow. Zoya.
That did not scare me.
Oh, why can't everyone think I'm not scary? I'm scary. Hater.
Speaking of scary, we haven't seen any monsters yet.
Oh.
Ah!
What?
Did I scare you guys?
Not really.
No, you're not scary.
Are you serious?
No monsters down here just yet.
Oh, this is where we saw the creepy crawling monster
Where?
What?
that shot at us.
I think Mia's alone. She's probably encountering one right now without us. Bro, are we buns?
Maybe.
I think we are buns.
I hope Mia's okay.
I hope so too.
I haven't heard a womp womp anymore.
Oh wait, I see something. Hold on. Stay back.
Oh, go guys. Be careful! There's something down there.
We have encountered our first monster. This was the machine gun guy that killed us last round.
And Nico is going to go and demolish it.
Yeah, let's get him.
Now don't worry, we are safe up here because we're out of its range, so nobody's gonna get attacked by him as long as we stay out of his sight.
It's shooting me! It's shooting me! It's shooting me! It's shooting me!
Why are you shooting at me, bro? I'm literally the furthest away. Oh! Yo, no.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Get out of there, Zoe. You got... Oh, she did, bruh. Nico, are you alive? What in the skibbity toilet? Are you serious? Did I just die to that thing? I think Mia's the only one alive now. And she's playing sounds. Why is she spamming this thing? Oh my gosh, Mia.
No! I'm dying! I want to live! I have a family! Please. I'm home free.
I have no idea how she got out of that. What in the world is she doing?
RIP our footage. It is not getting saved.
There goes the footage.
Yeah, unless she somehow gets to it. Okay, we're definitely giving the sound player to somebody else after this.
No.
I want it.
No, I'll give it to Nico.
No.
I gotta give it to somebody who won't clog with it.
What is Via doing?
Oh my goodness.
Ow!
Wow, she just died right at the ship.
That's not my friend! Why is that not my friend?
Oh my gosh.
Well, that's a whole day wasted.
Wait, were you guys dead?
Yeah, we were dead.
Wait, I'm so confused. Who was that?
I don't know.
Guys, we all just died.
Yeah, that's gonna be a huge loss for us.
Cheap hospital bill though, poggers.
Well, it looks like that day has gone to waste.
Unfortunate.
We're just gonna have to try again tomorrow. Yeah, time for bed.
Woo! Ah, it's a beautiful day today.
Okay, you don't gotta do that every day.
What do you mean?
This is the last day to get views.
Come on, we got it.
Yeah, I know. Let's go.
All we need is 26,000 views today.
I'm just gonna film only the monsters. Just keep the camera on them and we're chilling.
We need to get as much content as possible.
Yeah, true.
To be fair, I did the best.
Mia, you were just spamming the sound player the entire time.
Zoya.
No, I didn't know y'all died!
And then you just got killed out in the open.
I thought that was Nico! His face was blue!
That was funny.
Nah. All right, we got it this time, though. 26,000 views.
All right, opening the hatch.
That is our goal today.
Let's get it.
Okay,
Where the monsters at?
I'll stay with the team.
As long as Mia doesn't have a sound player, I think we'll win this time.
Dude, I didn't know y'all could hear it. Like...
Oh, wait, I see something. I'm seeing something over here, and whoa, I'm being pushed!
Oh, guys!
Oh my gosh, go.
Let me out.
Oh my gosh, Cash.
You stop it, Martin. You stop pulling me, bro.
Oh my gosh, where's Cash? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, where did Cash go?
And I already died.
Run.
Did they die?
I was being pushed by everyone behind me.
Yo, what happened to Cash?
Oh my gosh.
And they're just standing next to the monster. Oh, we're so losing this.
What's that? I don't have a flashlight!
Run.
No, I can't move it. I can't see! Run!
It's okay. I'm filming the monster. I'm filming.
Run!
I'm in a corner. What's going on?
Go! Just run! I don't know how to use the camera!
I'm still alive. Guys, the monster's right there. And it just killed our 2 friends. Go!
Hurry! Get to the thing! Get to the chopper!
They actually made it out.
You can't get in here, you're buns. Oh no.
Yo, chat, he's right there. Oh no, it's pooping and farting on us.
Ew! We're gonna die! Close it!
It's poisonous in here.
Bruh, did Nico just collapse inside of the ship? No way.
I think I pressed it.
Ain't no way.
Did we survive? Well, no, we didn't. But,
Your channel never took off.
no.
Your content was not engaging enough.
I feel like that's Nico's fault.
We died on camera!
The rest of your life was mid.
Bro.
Oh!
But then you realized it was only a bad dream.
Wait, it was?
It's a beautiful day today.
Oh.
We back, baby.
So it was all just a dream.
Oh, we're still YouTubers.
Yeah, but now we got reset to 3,000 views.
Bruh.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Ah, buns. If you want to watch more videos from us, then click one on your screen right now. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Cash, can you play a Minecraft mod called Arfex?
Sure. Okay, spiders? Really? You want me to play a Minecraft mod with spiders? I hate those things.
All right, ladies and gentlefish. As my first ever Minecraft video on this channel, we're playing a horror mod. Yeah, guys, I've totally never played Minecraft before. Ever. I thought it would be fitting to play this on the Cash Plays channel because it is a horror mod, but apparently this mod has stuff like insects and like centipedes and stuff, but it's mainly about spiders. Now, the reason I'm staying on this tree is because I'm kind of scared that if I jump down, I'm gonna get attacked immediately, but it looks like we're safe. None of the spiders are showing themselves just yet, but I know that if I don't gear up right now before nighttime, I'm gonna cook myself. If you know me personally, you'd know that I absolutely hate spiders. I don't even get near them in real life. So that's why I'm making a crafting table and sticks, and the first thing I'm making is a sword. Gotta be able to protect myself out here. Now, it looks like I spawned right next to a cave. Okay, it's just a creeper. I remember when that used to be the scariest thing in this game, but still no spiders just yet. Okay, let's try and not die to a creeper on our first playthrough. I found some sheep, which is actually really good because if I get 3 wool, then I can make a bed. And I know nighttime is going to be the most terrifying thing of all time, so thank goodness we found sheep. I'm just going to craft this ASAP, but you know what? I'm not going to place it down just yet. I'm a man, and men don't need to sleep, okay? We'll get this bed out of here. I also got some mutton, which is good because I'm going to run out of hunger so quickly in this game. And now, unfortunately, we're going to need some resources, which means I'm going to have to enter inside of this cave. Oh, no. Okay, wait. This cave's just a dead end. It's fine. At least I can make myself a stone pickaxe. I should probably get some iron immediately so we can maybe make some iron armor. But I think this cave right here might have a lot more for me. Any coal, please? I can barely see in there. I swear if I get crawled up on within the first 5 minutes of this video, I'm gonna be really mad. Okay, let's place some torches down. Oh, thank goodness. I'm just gonna block this up just in case. All right, we definitely have a good amount of ores now. I still somehow have not been attacked at all. Oh no, but it's turning nighttime outside. Let's see, maybe if I just build straight up, I'll be able to see something out there. We could see if anyone spawns. Okay, we just got some llamas and just a bunch of regular mobs so far. No spiders? I'm happy about that. All right, for some reason I made 2 Hey! What is that? Oh wait, it's just a little armadillo. I thought I was scared of you for a second, buddy. I won't kill you, don't worry. Unless you drop food. Oh no, what is that? Can you save me? Guys, I think we've encountered our first spider. It's just hiding right around this tree. Now, this may be stupid, but I'm gonna attempt to kill it. Oh, no. Don't tell me that's another one. Oh, there's multiple. Okay, they can't climb up here, can they? There's no way. Oh, my God. They can climb up here. They can climb up here. No, no, no.
Okay, I'm freaking out. I'm not fighting them anymore.
Hey, buddy, how about you fight me without your friend? Make this a fair fight.
Okay.
What? Wait, it was that easy? Man, if that wasn't the easiest spider of all time. Ew, what is this? I just got an armadillo. Did you drop this, buddy? I guess I could kill some more sheep just so we can get some more meat. I do need to make a furnace pretty soon. Okay. Why is that one so much bigger than the others? I don't want to fight you. I don't want to fight you. Ain't no way. I am not fighting you, you nasty. He's chasing me. Okay. Don't freak out, Cash. Do not freak out. What are you saying? Are you not terrified of the giant spider that was chasing me a second ago? Great, and now there's zombies on me. Get off me, buddy. Man. I could probably use this lava to make a portal later on, but that's if I want to go to... Oh my God. Do I fight it? Guys, it's chasing me. Why are you following me? You gross looking thing. Okay. Come here, buddy. Yeah, what's up? I'm good at Minecraft PvP. You're not. Wait. You don't even bite me. What you got? Huh? So are you friendly? Why are you following me around? And why are you so gross looking? Where's the music coming from? Huh. Okay, well, he didn't drop anything. I'm guessing that was a friendly spider. The other ones were attacking me, so I know I'm not invincible. Somehow you are not terrifying to me at all anymore. I said I wasn't gonna use the bed, but we're gonna sleep because I want to go mining. Listen, guys, if I were to play this with Fulbright on, I feel like that would have definitely ruined my experience. So having torches actually helps it. Oh! What are you? What are you? A centipede? Okay, I know there was centipedes in this game. Oh my God. Die. I'm low. I can't see. Well, I died to a centipede stalker. And guess what? I broke my bed, so now I'm back here with nothing. I'm gonna try to get my stuff back, but I'm not going back in there without a sword, buddy. All right, this is where I was at. I see my torches, but where's the centipede? I'm ready for you now, buddy. Oh, I see a leg. Look at the bottom left of my screen. I'm just gonna make a run for it. Where's the centipede at? I don't even know. Don't be in the water. You're gross. Dude, I need to make a stone sword immediately. What am I even doing? I've been playing Minecraft for over 10 years and I still don't know how to play this game sometimes. Okay, here's the plan. We're going to get close and run away. I'm out of here. Nope. You nasty thing. We need to go deeper so I can get some better ores. I'm just gonna leave all of my iron in here for now. Guys, what in the world did I just dig into? That's not a normal block from Minecraft. It takes so long to break. I hear something. Do I want to do this? We're gonna do it. Do I need a shovel to break through this or something? Do I even want to break this? I don't even know. Listen, I'm just gonna have my stuff ready. I probably should have... Oh, I should have made iron gear. I feel like I'm too far down right now. But there might be a specific tool I need or something. If I walk in here and get attacked... Oh, there's a skeleton. Yo, move out of the way, buddy. I don't even know what you're doing in there. Ew. I saw something. What are you nasty? Get out of here. You made a little nest? What is that, huh?
You can't get to me, though. What's wrong? What's wrong, spider? Huh?
Little guy got kaputzed. Oh, gross. All right, so if there's eggs and skulls around the place, that's gotta mean that there's a mama. And by killing all of her babies, I'm definitely making her angry, aren't I? What? I can't even reach you. How are you hitting me? All right, you know what, guys? We're just gonna make a run for it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ew. Move it, you little dumb little spiders. You don't even do that much damage. Oh, they can't climb up, can they?
Oh, what's wrong? You're too much of a little baby?
Oh, gross. Look at how many there are, bro. Back away from me. Can't even reach with this dumb sword, bro. Hey, guys, I have a question. Where's your mama? You don't know? Do I want to meet the mama? What are you doing down there? I'm kind of terrified on what I'm going to see down this way, but we're already going for it, aren't we? Now, guys, don't be mad at me. I'm just going to run a night vision command on myself so I could see a little better and so you guys could see, but I'm just going to block these babies off, and I think we're getting close to it. Gonna have to get rid of a lot of babies. Die. Oh, God. Oh, no. I don't even want to see this myself. Oh, my God. Get off me, babies. Nasty little things. What is this? Hi. I don't want to become one of these cocoons. Can I break it? Oh, this might be nasty. Oh, God, it was nasty. Hey, I want to speak to your leader. I want to speak to the mom. Hey, mama spider. I killed like 10 million of your babies. Uh-oh. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. kidding me? Even if I tried to attack the mom, I wasn't gonna win. So that's why I didn't even swing my sword at her. But of course, I want you guys to see just how disgusting she is. So I'm gonna hop into spectator mode and we're gonna go back there. So, as you can see, that's what I died to. I have no idea how in the world she killed me so quickly, but if I were to guess, she probably used this thing on her back to turn me into a cocoon. Also, somehow a bunch of water flooded into here. I tried to get into this chest, but let's see what it had inside anyways. Boots, antennas, and a parachute. And of course, we got a bunch of these little guys. Nasty. Now, believe it or not, this is not the biggest spider in the game. There's actually plenty of things bigger than this. But we're gonna go ahead and spawn in again so I can show you. Now, this time I've crafted a full set of iron armor, so hopefully I can protect myself once I go in this cave. But I have a feeling it's not gonna matter. And before I jump down, I'm just going to, we're gonna turn keep inventory on. If I die, I don't want to lose my stuff again, and I'm 100% sure that I'm probably gonna die down here. Obviously, I'm gonna need some torches so I can actually get down there, though. I heard something. I have no idea what I'm hearing. I don't want to go deeper into this thing. Probably not smart to stand by a ledge either, is it? Okay, wait. Maybe we're safe. I thought I was hearing something, but all I'm seeing is a skeleton on my booty. Yo, can you chill? Die. Yeah. Nah, there we go. Okay, you know what? I think I was freaking out. There's no spiders. Definitely no insects whatsoever. So I guess we can look for diamonds. I already have full iron, so I mean, maybe I could survive this. But if I go deeper, it's just gonna get more dangerous. Okay, just let me get my diamonds and leave. Zombie, don't mess with me right now. Aha, I found some. Yo, I'm about to make a diamond pickaxe instantly. Or a diamond axe. Nope, we only got 2. All right, we got another diamond up there so I can make my pickaxe. Now, you guys would probably think that making a shelter is a good idea, but I think you gotta realize something. I'm not a very smart person, so I'm not gonna be making a shelter today. We're gonna mine for diamonds, and then also should probably get a lot of obsidian or something. Wait, hold on. Are y'all seeing something over there? Zombie, hey, stop trying to attack me. Does anybody else see, What am I hearing? What am I hearing? Am I going crazy, or are there white glowing eyes right there? Do I want to get close to whatever in the heck you are? I'm just gonna ignore the skeletons. I don't even care. Ew, what is this? Ew, there's little crickets everywhere. Or, mosquito. Ah! What is that? No, 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 no. Beware. It is attempting to teleport you to with a ghost moth? What do you mean? What am I even dying to? I can't say. Well, guess my iron armor just doesn't protect me at all. Y'all want to see what I died to, by the way? I died to this thing. The moment that I got near it, it jumped on my face and flew around like that. I don't even think I had a chance of killing you. I just got 1 hit. You know what? I'm still going to consider it a successful mining trip because I was able to get a diamond pickaxe out of that. But we're running out of food and a lot of other things, and I need a better weapon. Also, why in the world is there a dirt statue? Was that always there? If this is the house of a giant spider, I think I might actually quit the game. Huh, what are those? Wasps? Do you guys think they're gonna be unfriendly if I go near their territory? I'm just gonna try and swim towards it, but I'm not gonna do anything, okay? Listen up, guys. I just want to climb up it, kinda. I don't know why I do. What in the heck is that? Is that an ant? Is this an anthill? I can hear y'all in there. I don't hear them dropping. Ew, 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 they're dropping. Ew. Nasty. Ew. Yo, yo. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay. I'm just gonna build up. Hopefully you guys can't somehow climb up this thing. That would be kind of embarrassing. Oh, I forgot about the ones with wings. Oh, why did I think building up was a good idea? Listen, listen. Don't interfere with this. I'm just trying to get inside. I just want to say hello, okay? I just want to say hello. I want to see what's up, all right? You flying monster, don't even get near me. Don't even dare. Oh, you're a big dude. Didn't mean that in a bad way. Didn't mean to call you fat or anything. I just, you're kind of large. Grody. What? Ew! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Get me in. Get me in. I just want to say what's up. I just want to say hello. Oh. Oh, gross. Oh, this is gross. Where even am I? I need torches. Oh, God. I cannot see. I'm legally blind. What am I dying to? Guys, I think I made a grave mistake by being down here. I can't even... Yeah, just kill me. Just kill me. Go ahead. It were termites. Listen, guys, I'm tired of dying over and over, and if I want to even survive in the next place we're about to go to, I need to... All right, guys, mining montage is over. We managed to get a bunch of iron and 9 diamonds, which means we're actually in a good spot now. I can make myself a diamond sword, so hopefully that'll actually kill some of the spiders I come by, and I think I can also make a enchantment table because I did get 4 obsidian, so we can actually enchant now. If I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, I don't even think it's going to help, and I don't even have lapis, so I'm just going to do it on the way to our next location. You guys see this thing on the ground right here? I spawned it in, okay? Now listen, if I wanted to craft it myself, I would have needed a netherite ingot and then some like crying obsidian and stuff, and I just honestly couldn't be bothered to do that in survival. But this is called a crawling compass, and I'm just going to save you all the reading. Basically, it takes us to another dimension. So that's exactly why I got so many diamonds and gold and stuff. I think I'm just going to use it for like full diamond tools just so we can get through things quicker. And also I got the gold so that we can make some golden apples, but I don't have any apples. So we're going to have to get that in a second here. Oh, crawling compass. Let's go ahead and start the scan. Oh. And it's this way. All right. Time to start our... I have found something. The compass has turned around on me. And I'm right around the chords where it says it triangulated. It's technically over there in the ocean. Look, the red's kind of pointing me there. But I'm not really trying to dig underwater. So we're just going to go ahead and dig right here and see what we find. I don't know if it's going to be what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a new dimension. And I think I know what it looks like. But I guess we'll see. I might just have to search around a little longer. Also, we got some lapis so we can actually enchant. I think that's definitely a smart thing to do real quick. I don't know if it's gonna help. We got spider protection on here. No, I don't know if it's a thing, but I would really love that. All right, well, this is gonna have to do. Digging straight down in Minecraft used to be a huge fear of mine. It still is, actually, but now with spiders even more. Okay, we're getting into deep slate territory, and I'm still not running into anything. I'm starting to lose a little bit of hope. Wait, what is this block? Oh, I think I found something. Oh, I did. Gotta be very careful here to not land on that powdered snow down there. We got copper blocks. Where am I? Okay, what do you have? Snowballs? Really? What do we need snowballs for? Listen, okay, I don't want any trouble. All I would like to do is just take your loot. Why is there no loot? What is it? What is going on? Ew. Hey. Hey, I don't even know what you guys are doing here. Listen, okay. No, I'm definitely in the wrong place. This is not where I'm supposed to be. I've never seen this before, so excuse me if I think it's kind of cool. Okay, we're out of here. We're out of here, buddy. No, I'm hearing spiders. Wait, that's actually a good thing. I need to follow where the spider noises are. Okay, guys, I think I found something. The only thing is, I think we're getting to be above ground right now, so I might have just wasted my time by going underground to that place. Yeah, this looks right. Okay, get me in here. I knew it. We're all the way back at the surface. Yo, what is that? Okay. Yep, I'm out of here. Okay, I'm just kidding. I just need to get a better look. Oh my goodness. That is exactly where I need to go. Thank you, crawling compass. I don't really need you anymore, though. So I'm guessing we just climb up and inside that huge orb. Oh my god, it's smoking. No, I don't know if this is good. This could be a horrible idea, and I didn't really bring any food with me, so might be even worse out. Okay, can I break through this or what? Wait, I could see through it, and it looks like this is unbreakable. Oh, maybe not. Crawling barrier. Interesting. I'm just gonna go from the intended entrance, which is right there. Please, nothing attack me. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're in. I know what you guys are probably saying. What in the heck are we looking at, Cash? Now it's at this moment that I'm gonna have to go into creative mode one more time to grab a specific item. Please don't be mad at me, guys. I'm just gonna grab these, okay? They're called abyssal crystals. And now I needed to get these so that I could fill in these blocks in the middle, but it says the pillars are not all lit, and I'm guessing it's talking about these. Can I just use a flint and steel to light them? There's no way this is gonna work. Are they lit now? No. Okay, we gotta light them another way. All right, guys, apparently I'm really stupid. It was a scorched charge. Yeah, okay. So we have to light all 4 pillars with these scorched charges, and as you can see, it has purple fire, but now that all 4 of them are done, I think that's when I can take this abyssal crystal and... Okay, I did it. Finally, you guys don't even know. That took me so long. Now, it says, beware, protection for netherite or above recommended before entering. I'm good at Minecraft, okay? I know what I'm doing. I am most definitely going to die in here. But you know what? Who cares? It's for science. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was going to be instant. Okay. Now, I spawned in a bedrock box. Oh, my God. Why did that scare me? Why did that scare me so bad? What am I dying to? What am I...
Stop it. Can you little termites chill out, please? I just spawned in and I'm getting brutally attacked. So it looks like we're in a new dimension. This does not look like the nether. That looks like a scorpion. Ew. And if you guys couldn't already tell, the floor is like red. And whenever I walk on it, it damages me. Oh no. Oh, and there's a bunch of bees everywhere and a bedrock ceiling. The grass is all dead too. Yikes. Is that a little cockroach? You nasty little thing. Roach nymph. Ew. I'm seeing something over there, but there's a bunch of bees in my face. I'm really not trying to get attacked. Can I just walk over this? I know it's a bad idea, but it might just make things faster for me. Huh, what's that over there? Is it raining blood? Oh, okay, get off my butt. I guess we could bridge over there. I think if I want to find what I'm looking for, I gotta go a little deeper. This dimension has multiple layers to it, guys, but it looks like wait, what are these things? Hello? Oh, gross. Oh, there's oh, you're fast. Get off me. You too, buddy. Huh? I want to meet your leader. Oh my god, you do a lot of damage. Okay, I'm going in here. What is this? What? Where am I? Wait, what? Hello? Oh, am I back in the overworld? Okay. Okay, no. We're gonna go back in with an elytra. That should make things a lot easier for us. All right. I want to see where everyone lives at. There's got to be some sort of giant structure around here, right? Aha. I think I may have found my way through this barrier, guys. Take a look at this. Can I break through you and get to the next layer? Aha! Look at that. I'm underneath the void now. And we're on a different layer. Ugh. What is this? Diorite. Interesting. Now, can I just go through here? Ew. Why is there a little gremlin right here? Were you living inside the dirt? I think we should just keep going deeper, because look at this. There's another barrier. It's raining blood in here, and there's giant spiders. Oh, okay. Yeah, thank goodness I'm not fighting any of y'all. I think this dimension's only going to get more dangerous the deeper I go, because look at how big these things are. Let's see if I can find another place to enter, though. I'm looking for the blocks that connect to the floor, because those are my entrance points. All right, guys, we're just going to go ahead and break through in creative. I think you understand the point. This mod pack is very hard. I would not have been able to do this without creative mode, because what in the heck am I even looking at? But it looks like this layer just has a bunch of ores to it and an obsidian box. What's in here? Ew. Oh, well, thank goodness I didn't go in here. Ugh. What, are we playing Minecraft Factions or something? You grody little thing. We have a lot of things here I could have gotten, like a purple scarab, whatever that is. It's not exactly what I was imagining. I thought we were gonna see like something way scarier. I don't even know what this sword does. Oh, it makes them float. I'm just gonna go around in spectator. Can I just keep going deeper? Okay, that's what I was kind of looking for. Do I even want to get near you, you nasty? What if I went here in survival, bro? Ow. He just killed me in spectator mode. And, yeah. That's him in the overworld. I thought it was a spider in the beginning of this video, but I'm pretty sure it's actually just a giant mosquito that's trying to act like it's a spider. I'm gonna fly straight into its belly. Oh. Well, there it is, guys. That nasty looking thing. Oh, no. What is that? No, no, no. Not you. I thought I told you to get out of here, buddy. Don't do it. Don't do No. No, 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 no. Okay.